Today, me and my friends played Grocery Store Simulator, and we started off as level 1, but now we're expanding our store and getting so many more customers. It's getting a little hectic controlling it all, but I think we're gonna make a lot more money today. Okay, first off, we need to change the name of the store. What is Kanoya?
That is Cash, Nico, Zoe, Mia combined.
I don't know why we did that last video, but I'm starting the store. Press the button. Open. All right.
Let's go.
We are now open for business, so it's time to continue where we left off.
All right. First off, we are down on washing powder. We need to buy some of that. I'm gonna do a restock on all this inventory.
You handle the inventory. You got 150 bucks to use.
I know.
We still haven't filled up all the shelves yet, so I don't think we need any more storage out here.
There's a box in our parking lot.
Ooh.
Oh.
Washing powder is like the number one, so I'm ordering a surplus of that.
Where is our employee?
Yeah, seriously, bro never showed up.
He was here yesterday.
Nah.
Okay, I'll man the register over here. It looks like people are already coming through. All right. I had to give that change 1 cent.
He works from 7 to 19.
Dude, I am lagging.
Yeah, same. What is going on?
Now we good. Yo!
What did you do, Nico?
The boxes, they're outside.
343 and 35, 41, 23. There you go.
Dude, I'm lagging so bad.
Why are you lagging?
Oh my gosh, the boxes, guys.
I'm just over here manning the register, giving people their change and stuffs.
I got the boxes.
Nico ordered way too much.
Oh my gosh.
We need a big variety of stuff. I'm checking them all out. Give me your card. Oh, good. No change. Is nobody paying with card today?
They better.
85, 90, 92.
You know, card makes it so much easier. This is the new reality.
Everybody has paid with cash. I gotta give this guy 17 bucks. All right. 1, 2, and then 2 cents. There you go, sir. Give me all your items. More cash, of course. No change. Give me that cash. 52 cents. 1, 2. Boom. There you go. And then this guy, $6. 1, doing. Boom. I don't know why today is just a very specific cash day, but maybe people don't want their credit cards charging them. Thank you.
You know what? True.
Yeah, maybe not.
Oh, here we go. $1.10. There you go, sir. 47. You gave me a 50 for something that's $2. Oh, okay. 1 cent, and boom. There you go. There's your change. And I gotta give this person $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 cents.
I'm ordering another fridge.
Okay, who wants to man the register for a little bit?
Me. I like to do the register.
All right, go ahead. I'm gonna fill up the shelves with stuff.
Wait, what's the close sign doing on the register?
This checkout lane is closed.
Nah, you closed it, Mia.
It's open, it's open.
Oh, okay, good. I'm gonna go see what we can buy over here. Nah, who used all our money?
Nico.
Nico did.
I'm about to buy a new fridge. We have a surplus of inventory right now.
Hey, yo.
I'm sorry.
Oh, the fridge is here.
Zoe, give me it.
Let's see. We don't need any more shelves or fridges. Maybe a storage dumpster would be nice. We could make it really close and put it inside. Also, why is it foggy outside? Is there a storm going on? Look at this.
No, not a storm.
Yo, it is foggy in here.
Guys, there's a dust bowl coming.
Yo!
What do we do?
I don't know, but let's just keep running the store. We're good. Can I hire an employee yet? Let's see. Employees. John Anderson, we need you to come in now. It's already 7. Where's he at?
I don't know.
Should I fire him and hire the night shift?
Yeah, this guy is terrible.
All right, I'm hiring the night shift. Boom. She should be on her way. Her name's Olivia Wilson.
I need some help throwing out these boxes, guys. If y'all could help me, that'd be great.
I'll grab some.
Okay, I'll help you. Where's the boxes at? Oh, they're all on the shelf. We should really have a dumpster in here.
Yeah, no, I think so.
I know, right? Please.
That would be goated. Okay, Zoe, you're throwing them on the floor. That's not even in the dumpster.
What? Oh.
You have to actually toss it in so it goes away.
It looks like a dumpster costs $150. We could get it soon.
Not right now. We should focus on some other stuff first.
Yeah, we got a budget.
I think that's just a future plan to speed up some things.
Yeah, it looks like we get more goods unlocked when we unlock store level 3, and store level 3 costs $750.
Let me on, Dale.
That's our next goal here.
Let me check our prices. Change prices. Retail price is $2.99. How much do we buy it for, though?
We want to change some of the prices based on the demand, so you gotta look at the stock that runs out very fast.
Wait, we can sell it for under retail price.
We can? Yeah, I know, but that's only if they're not selling.
True that.
Are they selling?
How do you check which one's selling the most?
You'll see, I don't know, you just gotta look at the customers.
Nah.
We need some statistics. Zoe, start counting.
Okay, 1, 2.
It looks like we need more milk cartons, guys. I'm pretty sure milk is running out quickly. I'm gonna change the price to $3.25.
What's going on?
I don't know.
The lights turned off.
What in the bougie?
Sorry, I turned them off.
Oh, I thought that was the storm.
You scared me.
Yo, the storm is really picking up out there.
Wait, really?
Bro, it's so foggy in here. Sorry.
Move it, move it. Let me see. Oh, gosh. We might be having a tornado out here, guys. We need to name this tornado. It's gonna be named Tornado Martin.
We should probably close.
No, we're good.
We have 300 buckaroos.
We need some milk in here. Should I order some?
Yes, please.
Probably.
Order a bunch of milk.
I'm just waiting to restock.
Okay, I got it.
And a bunch of other stuff. We're missing so much stuff on our shelves right now.
You know, we are missing a lot of stuff.
I'll take over the register for now. Just order more inventory and stock the shelves, Nico.
And now I am on the inventory. We are looking good.
Oh, yes. This guy's buying a lot of stuff. Thank you, sir. 57 cents. I got you.
Okay, go time. one.
That's the milk first. That's the milk.
Oh, it's go time. 1706 and 6. There you go. Ooh, I'm quick with this.
Dude, we need more fridge. We need more fridge. Uh-oh.
Oh, we need another fridge? Buy another fridge.
We're running out of storage right now.
Just save up for a large fridge. 1346. Oh my goodness. There's a lot of customers here. Card 3069. Okay. 703. 703. Boom. What about you? You gonna pay with card? Yes, thank you. 2395. Thank you. What about you? 1549. Oh, he already gave me all the change. Perfect. 426. 1, 2, 3, 4. 26. And then this guy as well. 1722. Perfect. $7 for this. Perfect.
Bro, the storm is insane.
I think it's chill. It's slowing down.
All right, I'm locked. Let's giddy.
Dude, our shelves. Oh my gosh, our shelves.
We are good. We got 200 bucks to our name. Should we start stocking up some stuff?
Probably.
Yeah, let's buy a lot.
Milk cartons. Oh, yeah. We do not have a lot of space here. That's not good.
Also, it's bad for business if you leave, like, the tags up there after it's out of stock.
Okay, so let's make sure it doesn't go out of stock.
Or you just, like, clear the tag.
True that. Ooh, we can get some wallpaper in here. Some floor.
Hey, Zoe.
Yeah?
Can you manage the restocking?
I've been managing the restocking.
Yo, guys, I think we need a new floor to attract customers. I'm buying one.
Okay, bye. What, dud?
All right, I did. And then I think we should change the exterior wall, though it's a little steep. So maybe in a bit we'll do that.
Okay, give me that fridge. Give me that fridge, bro.
Bro, we need that trash can in the back.
Does that fridge work?
I'm begging.
I'm begging.
Begging. Whoa, where's the... Oh, okay.
Did our floor change? Whoa.
Yeah, no, we expanded. We expanded. We expanded.
Oh, yeah, this building is looking good. Ow! I just got ran over. Really, Bougie?
I'm begging.
Begging you.
We should have somebody that tells us what's out of stock and then somebody that sits at the computer that can tell us. I'll sit at the computer.
Okay, Boosh.
All right, tell me what's out of stock.
It looks like we're out of... Let me see. I gotta get up real quick.
I'm pretty sure you could read it on the thing.
Oh, that is true. In store. Ah, okay. I don't need you to tell me then. We need some more of this stuff. Let's buy 35 of those. It looks like we're getting low on this, and this stuff.
All the green ones go over there, Zoe.
Yup. I figured it out.
All right, I ordered $71 worth of stuff. It's on the way here.
That was a crazy hiccup.
I think we need more Mr. Washes. Can you increase the washes? Because we always sell out on those so fast.
I'm gonna change you to $9 instead of $7. Boom. All right, our package came in. Whoa, it's already nighttime. Is our employee here yet?
Uh-oh, we gotta get the packages.
Our employee better be working.
I don't see him.
All right, do you want me to switch over to the computer cache?
In a bit. Let me restock real quick. All right, washing powder, boom. Oh, we definitely gotta throw these out somewhere else.
People are buying a lot of groceries.
I'm gonna restock the milk cartons. Oh, we're good there. We chilling. What about this beverage? Oh, there we go. Boom. That's all full. Any more milk cartons that need to be filled up? Oh, yeah, right here. There we go. Go ahead and take some more milk.
Can we get a trash can in the back?
I think that's a good idea, Zoe. I think I'm gonna buy that. Storage dumpster.
Can we buy any new stuff? Oh, wait, Olivia Wilson's here.
Oh, thank goodness.
She's not doing anything right now.
Olivia, we've been waiting for you. We're big fans.
I don't know who she is. I'm gonna be honest.
I'm joking.
Oh.
Oh gosh, bro. Dude, we need the big fridge soon. We gotta upgrade the store.
True that. These fridges are way too small. Oh my goodness, we're already running out of so much stuff.
Okay, I think we should decrease the price of one of these.
My dumpster is here.
Yes!
All right, let me rotate it, and it's gonna go right over here.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Word.
Wait, that's actually meta now.
It's goated.
This might be good.
Oh yeah.
Now we don't gotta go outside anymore. We're gonna throw things away.
Oh real.
I can't wait.
How do we make Olivia do work?
You have to click on her.
Yeah, you gotta click on her and give her commands. Here, Cash, you wanna do it?
Yeah, where's she at?
Oh gosh, I'm stuck on her menu.
Hello, Olivia. She bald.
Olivia!
Yo, she's bald.
Where is she?
All right, we need you to clean up this place. Thank you, Olivia. Actually, we don't need to clean up.
I'm waiting for the stocking.
We need you to stock shelves.
We need to expand our store size.
How do we do that?
We need to get store level 3.
Okay, well then let's save up.
We gotta start saving up.
No more spendy unless it's on products.
Can we hire our prices? We need to make more money.
Yeah, we can only hire the prices of the stock that doesn't sell. Of the stock that sells a lot.
Yeah, do that.
Here, can you get the change? I'm lagging again.
Oh, nah. She lagging. All right, here we go. 1, 2. Change them out. Oh, 781. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Boom, boom, boom. All right, give me your stuff. Card, 1548. Thank you, sir. Please give me your card. Yes, 1923. Thank you. And then your $5. Okay, easy. We're at 369. What do we need to make it to?
We need to make it to 750.
I think Olivia's doing work over here. Look, she's actually filling in with stuff.
Okay, Boos.
Okay, Olivia.
Yo, she's part of the gang.
She cooking.
Olivia, you are one of us now. All right, 3. Boom. 1, 2, 3. Man, I'm getting quick with this change.
I think I'm just gonna stock up on a whole shelf of washing powder.
Yeah, it does go away pretty quickly, but we don't need it now. We should keep saving the money so we get to 750.
You're right. Okay, I'm gonna save up as much as possible.
I'll tell you if stuff starts going out of stock.
Sounds good.
All right, I will buy that for you. 1610. Thank you. Come again. 250. Thank you. Come again. Man, we got a lot of customers outside. I think the standees are doing their job.
Nah.
The standees are not.
Yes, they are. The standees are perfect.
No, they're not.
They are perfect, Zoe.
They're doing nothing, bro.
No, don't say it. Don't say that.
This is just what I need.
Who said that?
I think it's one of the NPCs.
Just what I was after.
Why are you mimicking them?
I think I'm pretty good as the NPCs.
How are we looking on our stock? I think we're running out of flour.
Just check the quantities on the computer.
Okay, I thought you were gonna tell me, but it's all good.
Oh, my bad.
LOL!
Listen, I'm doing my cashier and Mia is standing in front of the shelves.
Yo, I'm keeping track.
You should be telling him what we're running out of.
Okay, we're out of,
I'm over here trying to count change and I'm losing track every 5 seconds. Why did they make quarters 25? That is so hard to do math with.
I know, it's terrible. I was just doing a bunch of pennies.
I'm just waiting for the restock.
We need rice and flour.
Rice and flour.
And boxed pineapple cakes.
83 cents.
Why
1, 2,
is
3.
this so
80.
expensive?
1, 2, 3. Someone said, why is this so expensive? We need to turn down the prices of something.
Ah,
Of what?
What'd they say it about?
I don't know.
I think they said it at the fridge.
Maybe the potato chips? Maybe the milk carton, because the milk is not selling.
Okay, yeah. Lower that a little bit.
Flour.
27.57. I got you. 27.57. There you go, sir. Thank you. What you got? 19.55. Exactly what I was looking for.
Ain't no way you put them right there, Zoe.
What? Is it bad?
$5.
They stack on top of each other.
I have to give this person $90? Are you serious right now?
Ooh, that's some good change.
I'm not doing pennies.
Who changed the sword to Cash and his friends?
I wonder who did that.
Bro, that is not the name.
It's Cash and his friends. Keep it.
Oh, and why is friend's capital but his is not?
Wait, I did the change wrong. Did she give me exact change? Okay, thank you.
Dude, we got a bus full of people coming here.
Oh, this is good. No, that's our employee.
Oh, wait, what?
Isn't it? I don't know.
They left. I say we fire them.
Oh my gosh, she clocked out.
12.78. Boom. Thank you. Please use your card. Nope, you're gonna give me cash. All right. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, I think they're talking about the milk.
Yeah, we definitely gotta lower the milk.
But the milk is good.
The milk is still expensive?
Yo, we're almost at 7.50.
Nico, this isn't selling right here.
The milk and then this drink over here is not selling. I think Mia just pointed that out.
What would you like to buy today, sir? Ooh, that's a lot of washing powder. Okay.
70 cents for that drink we're doing. That's under the price we bought it at, I think.
No way.
Your store smells like buns.
You're the manager of this store.
Oh yeah, wait, let me come back.
Yeah, you probably should. 402. There you go, sir. You're welcome.
Decreasing the price of the milk again.
Again?
Again.
We go again.
Maybe if people aren't buying, we put them on this shelf.
Well, if everybody comes for the milk, it's okay to make it a lower price because then they'll come in for other stuff too, so we'll profit off of that.
True.
No, I think, no, what are you doing?
Word.
I had a genius idea and you ruined it, Nico.
1570. Hello, sir.
Like a 7-Eleven, Mia?
Yes, if they don't buy, surely they buy from right here.
Mia, this stuff shooks our entire store and our walkway.
That's the Costco strategy.
Oh, come on.
We need to expand our store before we do that.
True that. I think we need a bigger layout. We're almost there. We're like 50 bucks away.
Yes, Cash. Keep that money coming.
I'm doing it.
Keep that money coming.
Yo, we're $3 away.
Come on, come on.
$3 away.
$3.
Can we get some more items?
Hey, yo, someone just left because our Mr. Wash is too expensive.
No.
Dude. Okay, I'm changing it.
All right, come over here. Let me check you out. $4.
All right, Cash. Once you do that, I'll take over the register.
Oh, yeah. Oh, this guy's gonna use his credit card. Hold on. $2. All right, what about this lady?
Really? For $2?
Yeah, I know. 1, 2, 3, 85, 90.
All right, upgrade it, Cash.
How did it upgrade?
I'll figure it out.
How is this bigger? I don't think you upgraded it.
Do we close the store and then open it?
It still says our store level is 2. Level up. There we go. Now I bought it.
Wow.
Let's go.
I don't think Nico did it correctly.
What an increase in size.
Store level 3. Good job.
Let's go.
Wait. Store expansion, store size. Oh, store size 2. It costs $1,500. Holy smokes. We could do that.
You know, if we make everything a ripoff, surely someone buys, right?
We need to make more money.
Someone try making one of the products $1,500.
Do it.
Let's see. Do we need anything? We need more flour. We need more washing powder. Oh, we're missing a bunch of the beverages. Why did no one keep track of this?
Nico, one job, bro.
Dude, I'm running the register now.
Wait, it's all the new ones. That's why. Can someone get us to 114?
Not with Nico at the register.
I need it so I can order all this. Oh, thank you. Perfect. It's all ordered.
Order time. I can't wait.
All right, Zoe, we are in charge of restocking now.
Yeah, I've been waiting for this.
Let's do it. Also, we shouldn't fill an entire fridge with a certain drink. We should make sure that we have the biggest variety of stuff. You know what I mean?
I know what you mean.
True.
Yeah, so only do one shelf like this. Boom. Ah. Wait, I can take it out. We're good.
No way this guy wants $87 in cash back. Like, we're losing money.
Although the washing powder, I'm just gonna fill up everywhere. Just what I was after. Okay, let's grab this. Breakfast biscuits. Oh, yeah. Thank you, breakfast biscuits. Let's hope you sell.
Man, I want a biscuit.
You can't eat our inventory.
What?
Let's fill this shelf up. That's good enough.
I'm gonna take a tiny nibble of each chip every single time I stock the chips.
That's what I'm saying.
You can't be doing that. Do we have any purple drink over here? No, we don't.
Just what I need.
I don't know about you. Oh,
We need to take out some of these milk cartons. I'm just gonna place them here for now.
there you go.
Boom. Okay, we really gotta make sure we don't overstock. So we have space for every item we can.
Bro, I got a line.
Here, I got it. I got it.
Let me get an empty box.
I got it.
What do you mean you got it?
I fixed the fridge.
Oh, give me that box. All right, let's see. Can I take out some of this? Oh, I can.
Nico, why is there a line?
Bro.
Look at that. You see that, Zoe?
I see it.
Just use an empty box to clear out the rows.
I'll keep it.
Only for the fridges, really. Let's see. Do we need to order anything else? Order goods. Oh, we definitely need more oatmeal, more rice. We need some more pineapple.
What is my shift in my break, bruh?
You don't get one!
Ow!
No breaks! Did I hear the word break?
No breaks. Keep on going.
If I hear the word time off, it makes me mad.
Can I get a break?
We need to clear these out.
We like seeing those big carts. Good job, customer.
Oh, yeah. Actually, this is good. I'm gonna keep the empty boxes. They're kind of useful.
Yeah, keep at least one.
All right, I ordered a bunch more stuff, Zoe. Look.
Oh, coming.
Oh, yeah. Let's see. We definitely gotta fill this fridge.
More items.
We have to have every single product we can in here.
How do we take back cash?
I don't think you can do that.
I miscounted.
Oh, you just gave the money.
Did you give him too much?
Yeah.
Oh, nah, bougie.
Do you lose money?
You might. There we go. I filled that entire thing up. I'm gonna keep the empty box right here.
Keep at least one.
Boxed pineapple cakes. Do we have that here anywhere?
It goes right above this. The box citrus cakes.
Okay. There we go.
Organization.
Boom. Oh, yeah. I think I'll use my credit card. I'm gonna refill this drink. Thank you.
Dude, use that credit card, bro. Stop using cash. Like, we're not in the past anymore.
Are we missing anything else? I'll check the inventory. Order goods. Oh, yeah. We definitely need more washing powder. Definitely more potato chips. Holy smokes. Okay, we're running low on a lot of stuff now. I think people are buying. They are buying heavy.
Okay.
I think this is the way we were supposed to refill the stocks. I don't know if Nico was doing it right.
How do I take the cash back?
Bro, you just right click.
Oh, okay.
Nah, Zoe. You don't know how to run the register.
You probably should do that, honestly.
Well, I'm good at restocking though. Look at this.
True, restocking is fine.
Where does sugar go? It goes right here. Boom. Sugar's there. Milk goes over here.
Milk.
We refill that milk. Oh, yeah. Potato chips. They go over here. Yeah, fill that up. Apple and cinnamon oatmeal. Oh, that's already still full. I guess people aren't buying. Yeah, now we're refilled. Let's check the computer. Okay, we got no more red numbers except for bean soup and boxed citrus cakes. I guess people are really buying that, huh?
Yeah, I think they are.
Oh, yeah.
People like it.
Lagging.
Nah, she lagging.
Oh, she lost internet.
Oh, nah. Okay, I did another order. This is perfect.
Our worker's here.
Oh, yeah, Olivia Wilson. Woo!
Olivia!
She's stocking.
Me and Zoe are stocking, though.
Yeah, that's my job.
She better not mess up my organization, bro.
She can't take my job. That's just messed up. We gotta work faster than her.
Yeah, for real. Come on.
We're mogging. Let's go. Fill that up.
Go, go, go.
Ooh, the boxed citrus cakes. I love these things. Y'all got some good taste over here. I love the citrus cakes. There we go. We need to refill these milk cartons. Let's check.
Bro has never eaten a citrus cake in his life.
Hey, they don't need to know that. Don't say that. Actually, I'm gonna take this all back. We should keep every row to itself.
I love when they give me cash and it's just perfect.
Perfect. Perfect.
Whoa, they said that at the same time.
They're blay.
We need flour. Flour's just gonna go up here.
Blah, 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 blah.
What else do we need to order? Washing powder for sure. I'm gonna fill a whole shelf up with washing powder.
Who put the flour over here, bruh?
Was it
It
me?
was probably me.
It's probably Olivia, bro. Fire her.
She doesn't have our organization skills.
Mia got something against Olivia.
Breakfast biscuits are doing well. Let's buy some more of those. Nico, you want me to raise the prices? Is it becoming too much for you?
What you mean? I don't know.
Okay, good.
I have no idea. I'm not gonna lie. I'm just entering numbers. I'm button mashing.
Mia, I think you should walk around and make sure the customers are happy. If they're saying the price is too high, then tell me.
All right. Oops.
Oh, yeah, it's go time.
Oh, yeah. Breakfast biscuits first. That goes down here. Easy. Oh, yeah. Ooh, washing powder. Yeah. Fill the entire shelf with all that.
What is Olivia doing? She just left a carton of milk sitting out.
A carton of milk?
Yeah.
No.
Bro, fire.
I think she needs to go. We're wasting $20 on her. I'm not gonna lie.
Dude, she drops the boxes.
Exactly. Fire her.
Bro!
Oh, yeah. You are not stocking shelves anymore. You will take a break, lady. Thank you.
Bro, but she's getting paid for nothing.
We're paying her to take breaks.
Goodbye, Olivia.
That's not how I do it at the Cash Digo Tabe.
Okay, I'm raising the prices. They're buying too quickly. I ain't gonna hold you.
This is just what I need.
Okay, why does that NPC keep talking?
Beats me. Why did her accent change?
I'm making the washing powder $8 again.
Hey.
I'm making the flour $3.
Dude, they bought all this stuff for $26?
Word.
Oh my gosh, I wish.
I'm making the pineapple cakes $4. We're making profits.
Make something 1500.
No, our store is gonna get blacklisted.
Nobody's gonna buy it.
Me personally, I would help out a local business.
Yeah, no, you won't.
Listen, man. Listen.
This is gonna be made $2. Okay, who made the milk carton $2 when the retail price is $3?
Had to, because we weren't selling any of them.
No, now we're selling.
Get to work, lady. Get to work.
I'm gonna order more flour, more of this stuff, more of these.
Are we almost at 1500?
I think we're close.
Lag.
We're halfway there. I'm not gonna lie, I think we speed run this faster than we did.
All right, I'm ordering more stuff.
I put her on cleanup duty.
Oh, yeah.
Guys, we need to spend more to make more, remember that.
Now we need more castor sugar. Don't worry, I ordered some.
We need to optimize our margins.
What does that mean?
That means we just need to change the prices so that they make us more money.
I already did that.
Nice.
I raised all of them.
Oh, yeah, go time.
They said thanks for the good service. You like to see it?
Stop! I'm not gonna lie, I've still been going out to the front to throw away the garbage.
Word.
I didn't know we had a trash can.
You were there.
I was, but I wasn't. You feel me?
Okay. I don't know about you guys, but we making money.
We making shmoney.
Mm-hmm.
This register job is just busy work.
Nah, what do you say it was expensive?
The milk? Maybe the milk?
Nah, Cash is listening to our customers like a hawk.
Yeah, I need to see what they think.
He needs to know.
No way, it's the milk. It's the same as retail price. Are they saying it at the fridge?
Yeah, they're saying it at the fridge. Also the orange looking soda. It's like orange.
Orange looking soda.
Oh, it's orange.
Oh, are you sure that's not yellow?
No, the orange, it looks like there's a sword across it, but I think it's words.
Okay, I'm gonna turn that back down to 150. I'm just gonna make them the same as retail price. All the drinks, they just run out so quickly.
Yo, Brody came up in here with a tank top.
Nah, just chilling, you feel what I'm saying?
Ow, somebody hit me with their car.
Nah.
On the job, I'm suing.
Olivia, what are you doing? We need you. Clean up.
How do I fire her? I don't know how to. Fine, clean up.
I don't think she's gonna clean.
Bro, God, fire her! What a waste of $20!
She'll clean. Watch. Ready? Give her a set.
Yeah! Clean up. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, I know why. We have to have one person stocking and one person cleaning. That's why.
Mmm.
No, you throw a box on the floor, and then, you know.
That's just how the game works, though. You gotta play by the game.
Okay, we're starting to run low on a bunch of this stuff. I'm gonna order some more of these. I'm not letting it go below 0.
Okay, you want to know what I just saw Nico do, bro?
Word.
The change was $1.95. What would you give the customer for $1.95?
$1 and then 3/4 and then 2 dimes.
He gave them $1, 3/4, 5 pennies, and a nickel.
Oh, nah. Are you serious?
Lock-in, Nico.
Nico, lock in.
Do you see a line? Do you see a line?
He's speaking. He's speaking.
I see our money going away.
Oh, God.
We good. Like, we good.
This is the same thing as taking our money and flushing it down the toilet, Nico.
Just let me do my thing.
This is not okay.
Oh, thank goodness they're using a credit card, Nico. You won't have to give them change.
You're that bossy manager that be looking at me 24/7. Like, I'm just trying to do my thing.
Fine.
Like, let him show up, do his thing, leave, and not worry about it.
True, he doing better than Olivia, bro.
True that.
No, for real.
Don't make me stock up inventory and just throw the box on the floor.
Hey.
It would give her something to clean. My gosh.
Bro, can we get to 1500? Please. I want to level up.
I just want money.
Excuse me, cashier. She cut me.
Word.
I was here first.
Mia, you're on the clock.
Now I'm off the clock like Olivia.
Man, why don't you mandate the register, huh?
I like the register. I know how to give correct change.
I like stocking, but I can also do the register. I'm pretty quick with it.
Okay, it's up to you.
All right, hold on. Let me just fill up these fridges with milk.
I'll get this, please.
We don't give out boxes. Sorry, Mia.
Dang.
What you mean? How are you already over?
What you mean?
All right, you want me to run it?
Yeah, run it.
All right, let's run it. What is this? I think it's glitched.
Bro, we have so much stock back here. What is going on?
Yo, move the box. $3. Okay, $24.97. I am so stressed out right now. We hit $1,000.
Dude, I can't combine boxes.
So yeah.
I can't combine the boxes.
Just put it on the shelf and then take it out with another box.
Hey, yo! We reached the comma!
Yeah.
Hey!
I just said that.
Buffalo. I think the milk is expensive.
It's very expensive, and we have 3 stacks of it.
Oh, we do? Okay.
It's okay.
No, it's not okay. It's too much.
Changing the prices of milk.
No. We don't need to change the price. Hold on.
What do we need to do?
Oh my god, we're getting a lot of customers. This is good. This is great. I love this. Goodbye, $4. Thank you. Goodbye.
Free milk.
Thank you, $19. No, don't give out free milk. We can make money off that. Who put a shelf here?
What is Mia doing?
Free
What is that? No, no, no.
Guys!
You're giving out freebies like it's nothing, bruh.
That's going back now.
Hey, did we lose a fridge?
It's back. Mia put it at the front and started offering free milk.
Dude, I'm just trying to get more customers.
Yo, that's kind of smart marketing.
That's what I'm saying. Like,
We love a marketing queen.
I'm going on the computer.
Wait, don't buy anything. We're almost at 1,500.
Mia, buy the whole stock.
But look at the fancy carpet.
That's what I'm saying. Buy more standees.
No, don't buy that.
15 standing. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding.
Don't do it.
Ooh, I can fire Olivia.
Don't do it.
But she's so terrible.
She's trying her best. $97 and change. Nice one.
Pennies, I say. Pennies.
Cash, we got a line. We got a line, Cash.
Don't worry. I'll clear through this line. Watch how quickly I get through it. 20 cents. There you go, sir. Give me all this.
Cash, I'll take over. Upgrade the store.
I got this. Look, I got. Wait, 6.52. Thank you. 17.20. Look how fast I'm speed running through.
What you think of that, manager?
It's all right. He might be fired.
Who, me? I'm speeding through.
Yeah, you're doing all right. I mean, Olivia does better.
Okay, really?
Olivia?
That hurts.
Dang, Cash.
Oh, that was my bad. That was rude. That was rude.
Yeah, that was very rude.
All right, the line's clear, Cash. You got it.
All right, let's go. Run it.
We got another box. I'm throwing on the floor.
Store expansion.
Expand!
Boom.
All right, we increased by like a meter.
What is this? Brother, we got scammed for nothing.
Are you kidding me, bro?
At least we unlocked new products, though.
We got that room, though.
Oh, we got so many more goods to buy, guys.
I'm feeling spacious.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna have to do this in the next episode.
Okay, Boosh.
If you want to watch more videos from us, then click one on your screen right now. And also, don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe!
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Today, me and my friends raced through a trick shot course in Fortnite. There's 200 levels of the most fun sniper trick shots, and whichever one of us can get the fastest time of the group wins. There's 100 levels in total on this trick shot course, and this is level 1. And it looks like you just have to go for that target, but you have to hit it with a sniper. So look,
I did it!
you do this, sniper, and you shoot it. We got that, and it shows Victory Royale. Oh, yeah?
And we have 100 of these things, so hopefully we got this.
Boom! We're getting this, we're nailing this first try. We gotta turn around. Boom.
Hey, yo.
And as long as you just hit the target, I don't even think it matters if it's a bullseye, to be honest.
Oh.
Boom. I think I'm on level 4 now, and now we got a little tightrope.
Oh, yeah.
And boom.
Yeah, I'm a level 4 too.
I don't know if you have to hit the yellow, but I'm just aiming for it either way. Okay, where am I?
Oh, this is so satisfying.
Yeah. Hit that one. Let's go. We're gonna all make it to level 100. We got this.
360? Oh man.
But just wait, because it's definitely gonna get harder and harder as we go.
Oh man, dude, this was kind of hard.
Okay, hit this. Boom. I like the pistol ones.
I'm actually not doing that bad.
Let's go, Zoe.
Woo.
Uh-oh. Boom.
I think the weapon might be randomized.
Yeah, true. Because I'm getting a pistol on some and a sniper on others.
Sometimes it's different, but sometimes it's the same.
Okay, now we got a
Yeah.
impulse grenade, so we gotta make this jump.
Oh, I missed.
Hit this, and then boom. Okay, I missed.
Dude, the ones with the snipers is so difficult.
I'm getting impulse naded.
Yeah, no kidding.
All
Bro.
right, get me over here. Oh, I missed.
All right, gotta swim for this one. Bam.
Whoa, where am I going?
Okay, wait, I'm getting hit back by y'all's impulses.
Oh, no.
All right, don't overshoot.
Oh.
Yes. Boom.
Wait, y'all are on an impulse level? I'm not even there yet.
No, now I got it. I got my groove.
Where are you?
Boom.
I'm on like the speed boost one.
What? I literally hit it.
Okay, sniper shot here.
Oh, nice. Oh, yeah, there we go. Impulse. Okay.
Oh, I fell. I'm trying to speedrun this as fast as possible.
Dude, this level.
Because I know there's going to be some levels that take me a million years.
And it's gonna get harder and harder, so we gotta lock in.
Ow.
Yeah, I'm on level 14 so far. Now we got to sniper this target.
Thank you.
Boom. And now we go here. This way. Boom. Wait, what? That one's a double. Okay, now we're getting into the good ones. We're getting doubles. Boom.
What?
I missed.
The snipers are way harder. I'm not going to lie.
No cap.
Because sometimes the no-scope will miss. The pistols are easy.
Nice. I finally got the impulse one.
All right, let's go. We're all cooking. I wonder which one we're going to get stuck at. I'm going to say level 30.
All right, finally, we're doing it.
All right, do I jump in this water?
Wee.
Oh, I do. Here we go. Boom. Okay, these actually aren't so bad.
The strat is you gotta wait till like last second and then shoot.
Yeah, true. That's what I'm doing.
What?
Because then you get a higher accuracy rate.
Turn around. Yeah, if you're far away from the target, it's going to be hard.
Oh my gosh, I just did 2 in a row. That was sick.
Boom. I missed on buns.
Oh, yeah. I'm cooking.
All right, these no-scope ones are definitely way harder.
I'm not gonna lie, Zoe's doing pretty good. I'm seeing her.
Dude, I'm cooking.
Okay, Zoe. There we go. I hit it that time.
Okay, little Zoe.
You got to hope that the no-scope doesn't miss.
Zoe's doing better than me right now. That's crazy.
Yo, W, Zoe.
I don't know how to play Fortnite! Oh, I missed.
I'm still making it through.
Nah, but she a trick shot her at heart.
Wait, I'm supposed to hit that? Oh, I hit it. Just last second, too. Come on. Boom. Really? Am I buns? How do I miss that? Yeah.
Dude, how do I hit this one?
Boom. There we go. I got it that time. Yeah.
Dude, the no scopes are so difficult.
Oh, I'm getting bouncered. Wait, can I just hit it from here? Oh, I can. I didn't even have to complete that.
Dude, this is really satisfying.
I know.
I liked it.
It's also because they're easy.
It's unlimited dopamine.
Now I gotta jump on these bouncers and then make it across here. Boom. There we go. I'm on level 29.
Oh my gosh, this one's so sick.
Huh.
Oh, I
I thought level 30 was gonna stump us, but maybe not.
I love when it's a pistol.
I know. The pistols are way easier to shoot with.
So satisfying.
Yeah.
Literally.
You don't have to worry about the no-scope accuracy. Oh, it's above me.
Don't worry.
I hit that like last second.
Let's go.
Watch this hunting rifle. Oh, I missed.
Cash, what level are you on?
I'm on level 33 now. It's
How do you even see your level?
at the bottom.
On the bottom.
Oh, I see it.
Flint knock. Boom.
I'm on 27.
I'm on 25.
Okay, so we're all pretty close together. Whoa, I'm getting rifted now.
Bro, I hate when I get the heavy sniper, bruh.
Yeah, the heavy sniper has like no accuracy.
I know, it's so difficult.
There we go. Hit that one with the sniper.
I'm winning.
Oh, let's go. Get me up there. Boom. Okay, they're still easy on level 37. I'm not gonna lie. I wonder when it's gonna start getting really hard.
Don't know.
Oh, this is definitely a little harder.
All right.
I feel like the parkour is gonna be the hardest part of this.
I want to beat this entire thing.
Or just pulling out your sniper fast enough.
Oh, please, not the parkour.
I'm trying to complete this entire thing. Boom. Now we got a rift.
Okay, what?
Boom.
Touch the heart. They will kill you.
Okay, I'll keep that in mind. Oh, I missed that. Ah, buns. Here we go. We try this again. I wish I could aim it in midair.
I know, right?
Because then I would hit these constantly. What's up? Boom.
Oh, nice. Dude, the target just appeared right in front of me. That was fun.
Oh, I missed the zip line. Oops. All right. Bouncer and then give me my sniper.
Dude, I love the zip lines.
Yeah. I know. The zip lines make it way more fun.
Bro, heavy sniper is fumbling on me.
Dude, I just missed.
Oh.
Jump to the second one. There we go.
Oh, I missed.
Okay, don't touch the hearts. Got it. I dodged all of them. Boom.
Boom. Turn around.
I missed.
Now I gotta go this way into the... Oh, I missed the rift.
Oh, nice. I got it.
Okay, let me jump this way. I like how when you die, you immediately respawn.
I know, it's so nice.
Now it's starting to get hard. You gotta make sure you pull out your sniper quick enough. I'm almost on level 50.
When does it get hard?
Level 47 was pretty tough. You gotta just be quicker. But I did it like second try. Boom.
Finally, I'm up to Zoe. Oh, this is zip line when you're talking about, right?
Yeah, some of them are easy, but some of them are a little harder.
This is great.
It just goes from slight work to light work. You know what I mean?
Wait.
Yes.
So like it's still easy, but
Oh.
it's not as easy as the others. There we go. Can we jump here? Jump here? Jump here? Oh, where's the target? Where am I looking? Oh gosh. Yo, am I blind? Where's the target on that?
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta go up. There we go. Okay, I got that one.
Gotta dodge the hearts and shoot the target.
Boom.
Wow.
The last 10 levels are most definitely gonna be the hardest ones. Boom.
Get the dropper.
Oh gosh. Oh jeez. Give me my sniper.
I love it.
Boom.
Yes, doing good.
Yes, Martin. We're all doing good. Honestly, I probably have under 10 deaths already. Turn around.
Oh, yeah.
I definitely have more than that.
The targets need to be further away. Then it's gonna be harder to hit.
Oh, that'll be so difficult.
Yeah. Yes. Boom. Oh, I'm on another,
It's me.
what is this?
No.
It's like a skate zip line. You ride it with your feet.
You're sliding, sliding, sliding.
Zoe, I'm with you.
Yeah, sliding.
Hi.
I like the slideys. Boom.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yeah. Where am I looking? Where am I looking? Oh, wrong way.
Great, great.
I'm supposed to go back and then this way.
Oh, my God.
Yes.
Wait, there's a dropper.
I love it.
What?
Oh, and you gotta hit it on your way down. Okay, I see.
No, I missed.
I kind of cheated the dropper. I'm not gonna lie. Oh.
Oh, not the heavy sniper. Oh, there we go. I got lucky.
Yeah, the heavy sniper is so buns. Okay, what is this? Yeah.
Wait.
Got it.
Oh, wait.
Pistol. I love it.
Honestly, trick shots are mostly luck.
Yeah, that's true.
Dude, I got a lot of luck then.
Literally.
Wait, you gotta ride this zip line up.
My reticle is right on it, and it's not working.
If you get the pistol though, it is so slight.
I know, right?
Wait, what?
I'm pretty sure that one you have to choose the right pathway, but I just jumped over it. Turn around. Boom. Oh yeah. And we got another zip line. Boom. No, I missed. I hate that sniper.
Oh, you buds.
Accuracy on it is so bad. There we go. That time the accuracy was good.
Come on. Oh, yeah, this is so slight.
Okay, do I go left or right? I'll go left. Oh, then this way.
Come on, kill.
Yes! Wait, I'm kind of goated. Hold on. Now I hit that one.
No, a double.
I'm already on level 73. Pistol.
Oh, that's crazy.
Boom. Is this a glass bridge?
I'm on level 76 right now. I'm moving.
I'm on a glass bridge right now. Okay, it's right, left, and then maybe right again. Yeah. No, it's right, left, left.
I'm only on level 63. I gotta lock in.
I'm on 68.
All right. Boom. I wonder when it's going to get hard. This is slight work. Boom. And this one I got to turn around. I see it. So I jump up here.
It doesn't get that bad.
There we go. All right, now I go here. And then sniper time. Oh, pistol. Never mind. Heavy sniper. It doesn't matter. Wait. This one's a double one. I like it. Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah. Give me that hunting rifle.
I love it.
That one's not bad either. The hunting rifles are easy.
Yeah, they got some good accuracy.
Nice.
Yeah, the ones with the wide reticles are not good. Okay, I don't like these rings.
Yeah, or the ones with no reticles.
Oh no, heavy sniper.
What is that?
Yeah, I don't know why some of the snipers don't show a reticle. Hello, target. I'm on level 83 already, and it still hasn't really gotten that hard.
I'm getting so unlucky with my guns.
I just fell off the edge. Yeah. Bruh, am I buns? Okay.
Maybe.
No, I'm not buns. I'm goated. Boom. There we go. Now I gotta turn around for this one. Got it. We're doing it. I'm gonna make it to the end. I'm on 87 now.
Oh my gosh, you're so close.
I know. Come on.
Where's this thing at?
Come on. Let's go. And this one's just above a wall. Easy beans. Okay.
Oh my goodness, it's up there. I didn't even look.
Wait, so I gotta go backwards off this bouncer and then hit this one on the wall. And then I gotta hit this. Boom! Yes, I did it. Okay, we're goated. There we go. Now I'm on level 91.
Oh, you are so far ahead of me.
I know. I'm cooking right now. Got that one. Now we gotta turn around and then hit that. And then I gotta go upwards. I see you, little target.
Oh.
Hiding above me, huh? Okay, these bouncers are just gonna bounce me back and forth. I could probably just hit it from here, though.
I completed the game, guys. That was fun.
How'd you do that?
I'm on my way. I got 4 more levels.
Well,
Boom!
there's another one.
And then I just gotta jump over these walls.
Almost done.
There we go. Oh, what's this? I'm going back and forth. Hunting rifle? I could just hit it before I even get to the end. Oh, wait. This one's like a triple. Boom. And I did it.
Oh, baby, a triple.
You stole my life.
And now it's time to move on to World 2.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna race to see who can get through this World 2 the fastest. So once we start, there's no stopping. You just go as fast as possible.
Let's go.
All right, now we start. Let's go.
Go time. Hey.
Okay, I already missed my first one. Why do I get the heavy sniper, bruh?
Dude, I got heavy sniper twice in a row.
Yo, this game needs to give me better stuff.
3 times in a row.
Dude, I'm getting the heavy sniper.
I must win. I must win this. Let's go. Give me my sniper.
Dude, I feel like last time I just got unlucky. I got heavy sniper so many times.
Yeah, I've gotten the heavy sniper twice already.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, here we go. Heavy snipers only?
Really, Martin?
Is this supposed to be like way harder or something? Come on.
I think so.
I got multiple shots in that one.
Bro, I get that. Bro.
Let's go. I see you, Peanut.
Semi-auto's also not good.
Boom. Peanut,
Semi-auto's pretty good.
don't you run from me.
I'm not.
Yeah, semi-auto is good because you can take multiple shots.
Dude, I keep on getting the...
Oh, launch pad. Take me there.
Run away, you're gonna die.
Run away, you're gonna die. Oh, no. No, I don't like the heavy sniper. Why? Why do you give it to me?
Oh my god, baby.
I don't want it. I do like the hunting rifle, though.
I'm behind you, Nico.
Hey, Zoe.
All right, we're all going as quick as possible.
I like the flintlock pistol.
Oh, I missed.
Got it.
Dude, I'm buns. Yeah, the flintlock pistol's goated.
What?
Come on.
That was so bad.
Come on. Heavy sniper. Oh, I hit it.
What? Oh my gosh.
Let's go.
All right, come on.
Oh, gosh. This sniper?
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm on level 11.
No!
Yeah. Thank goodness. Oh, gosh. We got to go left and right.
Bro, I've done this level twice and gotten the heavy sniper. It's so hard.
Oh, I got the semi-auto. Wait, I hit it. Let's go. Okay, give me my sniper. What am I going to get?
Oh my gosh, what the heck?
Heavy? It's fine. We still hit those.
Finally, pistol.
Oh, yes, what is this sniper?
No. There we go.
Oh, thank goodness. Whew.
All right, come on, I got this.
We must go quicker. Heavy sniper, please don't fail me.
I hit the heavy.
Oh, thank goodness.
Yo, this map is so big.
I know. These levels are definitely harder, especially with the heavy snipers.
Yeah, I'm thinking so for sure.
Let me up.
Why would they do this to us?
Oh, gosh. What is this? These levels are so much more detailed. I love it.
I know, right?
I love it and I want to brace it.
Okay, is it just me or are we getting way more heavy snipers this time?
Yeah, we are.
I'm getting it like every other round.
It's going crazy.
Honestly, I think it's RNG, because last time I got so many, but this time I'm not. So, I'm being lucky.
No.
Yeah, you got that murderer chance luck. Yeah.
Oh, nah.
Oh, pistol. I love it.
I mean, with trick shots, it's all RNG anyway, so I'm not complaining.
That is true. Boom. Okay, now we gotta go up and hit this clock tower. Got it. Then we gotta go this way.
Ooh, needed that one.
Oh, I see you. I see you. No, no, I missed. The reticle is so big.
Oof.
Nice.
No, heavy sniper. Oh my goodness, I missed twice. The sniper just doesn't want to hit.
Oh, I think I see SpongeBob.
No, you don't.
Red.
Okay, there we go. Finally.
Oh my gosh, and yeah, that one didn't hit.
What is that?
The heavy sniper loves just not hitting my targets.
Hunter rifle, yes.
Oh, yeah.
It really is just RNG with the sniper, huh?
What happened to my momentum?
Oh yes, pistol. I love it. Give me that. Now I gotta turn around and then hit that.
Yes, sir.
Got it. You just gotta let your aim fall into it.
Nice.
Boom. There we go.
What is this sniper, bro? Come on, pistol. Oh my gosh, heavy sniper.
Give me a better sniper game.
Yeah, dude, guys, I'm getting RNG bad. I'm getting bad RNG right now.
I know, right?
Oh no. Oh, heavy sniper? Yes. Thank goodness. See, sometimes a heavy sniper can cook.
Another heavy sniper. I gotta just wait. There we go.
Oh gosh. Yeah, me too. I'm waiting. Boom. Hit it last second. All right. Revolver? Wait.
Yeah, I did not hit the RNG on that one.
I didn't even realize you can get the revolver in this.
Heavy sniper, what?
Revolver is crazy.
I know. My first time seeing it.
Yeah, I got a revolver on one of them.
I guess it's so rare because it's the easiest one to hit with.
True.
Heavy sniper's common because it's the hardest. Oh, hello, Mr. Target. Boom.
Oh, yeah.
Now we go forward
I keep on missing.
and up and then revolver. Boom.
Please. Yes.
I love it.
Yeah.
Boom.
Heavy sniper.
I'm on level 40. Oh, hunting rifle.
Where is this thing at?
Okay, how did I just fall on that?
Guys.
Yo, what is this? I'm so confused. I keep missing the platforms.
Not the heavy. Oh, that's the buns.
At least I got the revolver at the end of that. Boom.
The bullseye.
Now I got the semi-auto.
No.
Come on.
Now I got this, whatever this is.
Dude, I'm getting hot, dude. I'm on my heavy sniper.
I don't get the ones without reticles. It's so hard to see.
I know, right?
I don't know if I'm aiming too high or too low. Okay, now I'm on level 45. Yes, revolver. I love it.
All right, I'm on level 37. I can clutch it up still.
You can. I'm only halfway through, to be honest. Okay, come on. Don't fail me now, Mr. Ice Skates. Yeah.
Dude,
Come on.
there's no aim.
Dude, I shot 3 times and it did not want to hit any of those.
Come on.
Okay, flint knock is better.
Finally got the revolver.
Oh, this is a weird looking map. Yo, no reticle? It's fine. It doesn't matter.
Nice.
I also realized some of these bouncers are just crazy. They launch you so far.
Give it a second. Bang.
Hunting rifle. Don't fail me now. Is this a tornado? It is. Oh, heavy sniper.
Yes.
Thank goodness. If your heavy sniper misses, you just gotta give up
Oh, yes.
and let the round restart.
Heavy sniper locked in.
I know. Sometimes it really locks in. It's so satisfying when it hits right in the middle. Boom. Okay, level 55. Oh, boom.
Okay, some of these courses are getting longer.
I know.
Oh my gosh. Some of the long ones, if you miss, it's just you're cooked.
You just gotta restart from there.
Yeah, exactly.
No. I got a dud, bro.
Turn around. Let's go.
Died.
Oh my gosh. I clutch that one up.
There we go.
Yo, where am I looking?
Needed that one bad.
Oh, right there. Oh,
Needed that one bad.
I missed the zip line. Oops. Yeah. Launch me, bouncer. All right, please give me a good weapon here. Oh, what is this?
What level are you on, guys?
I'm on 60.
Oh, I'm about to get up.
Oh, come on, sniper. No.
Dude, I am not getting lucky with this.
Yeah, these snipers are not good. Not getting the great ones. Oh, wait. But the no reticle ones are always fire. They always hit their target.
Not for me.
Nah, they be missing for me.
They be buns.
I feel like I haven't missed one with no reticle.
I keep on missing.
They got that hunting rifle accuracy for me.
Come on. Yes.
I know, right, Zoe? It's annoying.
Dude, it's so annoying.
Zoe, what level are you on?
44.
Oh, that's not bad. Zoe's kind of cooking.
Some of these levels are just like speedrun.
Yeah, true. And you gotta hope that you can get it fast. Oh, gosh. Don't fall on the rocks, please. All right, here we go. Please, no heavy sniper on this one.
Not the heavy sniper over here. Nice.
Thank goodness. If you have a far target and you get the heavy sniper, then you're cooked.
No, exactly.
Okay, here we go. This sniper now. Boom. I like how it shows Victory Royale every single time you hit it, too.
I know, it's satisfying.
It's nice and rewarding.
All right, now I'm going speedrun mode. I'm going fast. I don't even care. What's up?
Nice.
Boom.
Come on, give me something good.
Now we go upwards. I'm not even looking at these maps. Oh my goodness.
Me too. You just gotta let it drag you.
Oh, come on. Oh, thank goodness.
I made it.
What is this? Oh, nah. Peanut died.
There we go.
Huh. Yes, we landed. We landed. Boom.
Oh no.
What happened?
What level are you guys on?
It's fine.
Ah.
We make up with the time skip.
Time skip. Time skip.
We all can time skip?
No, I don't know, honestly. There we go. Now we keep going. What is this? Oh, how did I even hit that? I don't know. The target popped up on me last second. Now we go forward. Yes. Oh, no. Heavy sniper. Why you do this?
No, heavy sniper fumbled.
For real.
Oh, yeah.
Jump.
Oh, at least I got the flint knock this time. Thank goodness. Oh, that one's quick. Jump.
Nice. Needed that.
Jump. Oh,
Needed that, baby.
I hit that one last second, too. Boom.
No, I'm buns. I missed.
Nah, don't be buns. Hit.
My Spider-Man.
Hit the shots.
No.
What?
Yes, I got it. Oh my gosh, barely.
Yeah, no.
That's fine. That's fine.
I missed my flaming shot. Come on. There we go. Pistol, finally.
Bro, I got a long shot. If you don't get a pistol over here, you're cooked.
Yeah, the long shot ones are the hardest with snipers.
Okay, nice.
I'm just trying to catch up.
Oh, thank goodness. I hit that one.
Dang.
I just saw Nico.
Zoe's probably close to me right now.
Oh, nah. Okay, zipline ones.
No, no, no.
And then hunting rifle.
Oh my gosh.
And then we gotta turn around.
This one is so bad.
Yes.
Boom. Oh gosh, revolver. I think that was one of the long range ones. Yeah. Hunting rifle again. I love it.
Oh, yeah.
Keep giving them to me, game. Oh gosh, I missed that. Well, I got a heavy sniper, so honestly, it was good.
Getting so unlucky.
Give me the gun.
Heavy sniper, are you serious? What? Dude. Oh my gosh, I got like 3 in a row that are buns.
Wait, now I gotta turn around.
And another heavy sniper.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Okay, there we go.
thank goodness.
Can't miss this one. Can't miss this one. There we go.
Don't miss it. Turn around.
Wait, I passed you?
Zoe passed me, yeah.
What?
Ain't no way. Is Zoe the goat?
Wait,
Oh, I missed.
I just fumbled, so he might win.
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, thank goodness. I like the hunting rifles.
Guys, I beat the game.
Already?
What?
No way.
I'm on level 95. Oh, hunting.
I'm on level 77.
Let's go. You're on level 77?
Yeah.
Oh, nah.
Wait, guys.
I'm on 76.
I'm number 6 on the leaderboard.
What?
Huh?
Oh yeah.
Oh, geez. Ah, there we go. I wonder if I could do this without dying once. I feel like now that I've played it, I totally can.
Yeah. Hey, you passed me up.
I did? I just won.
Oh, no.
Let's go.
Oh yeah.
And that was both worlds of the trick shot course. I think we cooked.
Oh, yeah, we did.
Let's go.
If you want to watch more videos from us, then click one on your screen right now. And also, don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye, guys.
Bye. Bye.
Today, me and my friends hopped back on Pico Park 2. And last time, we left off on World 4, so that's what we completed today. We also compared each other because we got some noobs on the team, but we also have people that are so good that they literally have to be hacking. I'll let you see for yourself. We're back with some Pico Park 2, and we left off on Danger Park, level 1.
Let it go.
Oh, gosh.
Now, let's not troll this time. We all know what to do in this game, right?
No trolling, you must lock in.
I would never troll.
Exactly.
W is jump.
Zoe is on top of my head.
I would never troll.
Okay, there's the key up there, and the door is underneath.
Good luck with that, gang.
We all might need a stack. Wait, I got this. Got it.
Oh.
Wait.
Oh, no.
It's lowering.
What do we do?
Oh, it's lowering.
Wait, where do we go?
Hey, Martin. What do we do?
Ugh.
Oh.
Nah.
Do two of us hold the bars up?
Yeah.
Maybe.
That'd be strong.
That would make sense. All right.
Go, go, go.
Me and Zoe hold the bars up.
Okay, we need you guys to move.
Do we want Zoe on the bars?
Hold them up.
Zoe, move.
Maybe the last two people will hold the bars.
Guys, go forward. Go forward.
Move, Zoe. Move. All right.
Okay.
Go ahead.
I'm gonna grab the key. Oh, Zoe, get on my head.
Okay.
How do we?
And now push through.
Oh, gosh.
Nice. Yeah.
I wasn't ready. You pushed too fast, bro.
If we all walk in a line,
Okay, no.
then we'll be able to make it through.
Are you sure about that?
I just tried it with Nico. It worked. All right.
Positions.
Now get the key. And then now everyone line up and start walking into me. All right, let's go.
Go, 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 go.
Yeah.
We did it.
Let's go.
Okay, keep going.
Now, who left a key in there?
We got the key. What do you mean?
I'm just playing.
Shady trying to troll or something.
Easy beans.
Oh, perfect.
Level 2. Okay, this one there's a big blade of death and I don't want to touch that.
Oh.
How does that activate?
Right as I get the key.
When you grab the key.
Okay.
Okay, wait. Everybody come on this side before I grab it. Don't jump.
Oh.
Oh, Zoe.
All right, let's go.
Don't jump.
Walk under the key.
Oh, I want to jump.
Okay.
What is this way? We got 2 blocks.
What? There's another saw.
Oh, nah.
Okay, we got to block both sides. So let's get up top and then...
Okay, someone needs to get up there.
Okay, everyone stack.
Just push it off the other side when you get up there.
Are we making the staircase? What are we doing?
Okay, I'll get up there. Yo, Zoe, stack.
Yo.
We need a stack. Okay, yeah, that's Shady.
I'm trying to be the bottom.
Boom.
All right, Shady's pushing it down there.
Okay.
Okay.
That should stop it.
Then we go here.
Then we push this one.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, no one pick up the key.
What?
Not yet. All right.
All right, right there is good.
Okay.
There, that should be good.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Okay, now.
Now push it.
We gotta pick up the key.
Go.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, watch it.
Okay, wait, it's gonna come back.
Push the block. Just push the block.
Okay.
Just push the block.
go.
Okay.
Now we doing the risky way. We good.
All right. Whoa, Martin.
Nobody sell, bro.
Let's go.
Yo, the miner was so close to selling.
Don't scare us like that.
Hey, we did it. Level 3. Okay. Whoa.
Bro.
I had no time to react. All right. Well, whoever's next to the key, just jump off and grab it. Ah, it's me.
Yo.
Nah.
Wait, oh, the spikes fall down and kill us.
So you gotta dodge them.
Okay, the first thing you need to do is jump.
Oh.
That's the first thing you need to do.
Should we wait a second just to look at our surroundings real quick?
Hey.
All right.
Yo.
Okay.
Maybe once somebody moves, that's what happens.
Okay, no one move. Let's see.
Okay.
Bro. All right.
Okay, that doesn't help.
Nobody moved and it still fell.
We have to move.
So move.
I'm just gonna try and grab the key. Give me that key. Oh.
Nah, I died.
I was alive.
My fault.
I think this might just be a game of dodging it.
Yeah, exactly. Oh.
Move, Zoe!
Yo.
Zoe.
Bro, one person gets the key.
Oh my gosh, I just went late.
Zoe.
Yeah, why doesn't someone go with the miner, bro?
Okay, I can't jump on it.
All right, I'll go with the miner.
Bro!
Okay, I landed on the spike. Word?
Who's closest? Hold on, let's see who's closest really quick. Okay, so Cash will go with the miner. And Zoe will jump onto Nico's head. Perfect. Okay, we got this.
Yeah, and then I'll move. Okay.
Yes, Nico will be the move. Okay, I wasn't ready. I wasn't ready.
No!
Yeah, we had it.
Guys.
The one time.
Okay.
Boom, land on my head. Yes!
Perfect.
Okay.
All right.
Now watch the blocks.
Okay.
Okay, let me move back.
Ah!
Yeah.
Oh, please.
You guys got this.
All right, I'll go. Yeah.
Please.
Okay, mine, are you next?
Make sure you hold down W.
Ah!
Yeah.
Oh, thank goodness.
Finally, bro.
Let's go.
Holy smokes. Level 4.
What is this?
Okay, what am I looking at right now?
Okay, I can't move.
Oh.
Wait. Nah.
All right, we gotta move right as it disappears.
The bottom people need to move first, and then the top people.
Yeah, we gotta go fast.
Yeah.
Well, Zoe and Mia can move immediately.
Boom.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, I'm sorry.
I probably should have moved.
I was
What are you doing, Zoe?
I was still in the air.
Yeah, but why'd you jump in the first place?
I think we gotta move positions like this.
Just walk.
Oh.
Yeah, we're chilling. Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, no, it's just shifting. Okay, wait.
Oh.
Minor.
This is gonna be tough.
Just move one block when it disappears.
Lock in.
Boom.
Oh.
Zoe, that's 2 blocks, Zoe.
Oh, sorry, that's my fault as well.
Okay, but why didn't the miner just walk off?
I thought thought I could make.
Here, just go over to that block.
No, just keep walking.
Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Baka!
No, you're good. I didn't go close enough for the key.
Martin.
It's hard, okay?
The key is difficult.
You know, whenever. Go! Oh, sorry, Zoe. Sorry, Zoe.
Just keep moving, bruh, after that one.
I could have survived.
Here, let me get the key.
How are y'all not understanding?
I overshot.
Zoe, you don't go. Zoe, only move one block.
I overshot. Hi, Nico.
Oops, I tried it.
Zoe, just if this happens, just stay on my head. Like.
Okay.
Yo.
That was close.
All right, I'm staying up here.
I think we forgot the key.
Why?
I'll get it. I'll get it.
Nico, I'm scared.
I'm getting the key. Don't worry about it. Just trust.
Oh my god.
Guys,
It was Nico. He did it.
We can all stack on one person's head, I think.
just stack, okay? Let me get the key first.
I do not want to be in charge of it.
I'll be in charge of it.
Oh my gosh.
All right, I got the key. Okay.
Hi, Nico.
Shady, you got it.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
All right.
Now, everyone stack on my head.
Oh, Miner, you're playing some risky business, Miner.
Here, let's get a staircase so he can get up.
Oh my gosh.
All right, I'll take us. Oh, Martin.
Zoe, stop moving up there.
Zoe, you're like on the edge. You gotta line up.
No, don't line up. Zoe, just.
Ah!
Dude!
That wasn't me.
Zoe, I don't like how close you are.
I'm lined up. Don't worry.
Zoe, don't readjust.
Okay.
Woo-hoo-hoo.
We got this. We got this.
Don't you mess it up!
Oh, Martin.
Don't you mess it up, bruh.
I'm not gonna mess it up. Are you kidding me, bruh?
Yes.
Let me through.
Whenever you ever see me mess something like this up?
Oh, thank goodness.
Yay!
Put the key in the door.
Nah, that was like the hardest level.
Yeah, that one took a lot of timing.
Oh, gosh.
You just need 2 trustable people at the bottom.
The other level was definitely harder.
World clear. Next world is called time limit.
Oh, gosh.
So we're not gonna have a lot of time to work with here.
Okay, go.
Oh gosh, get the coins.
Oh boy.
Collect all the coins.
Get the coins.
Go, go, go.
Okay, 3 people on here.
We need to go bouncy.
Miner, what are you doing?
I got this left one, Nico.
Okay, you got the left. Okay,
Ah!
I'll get the middle.
Oh yeah.
Oh no.
What are you doing?
Joey, get on. Just stay on with us.
Okay, come on.
I will get this one. I will get this.
How do we get these ones?
Go, Sadie.
Oh gosh.
I need someone down here.
I got you, Nico.
Zoe, you and me right here.
Nico, come with me after this.
Okay.
Come with me.
Go.
Oh, gosh.
Go.
Put Zoe and Mia. Get on each other's heads.
We need someone up.
You and me.
Come on, Mia.
Okay, yes.
Run.
Guys, why is it W now? Like, why does the space bar not work?
Yeah, get the key.
The key.
Oh, yeah, we're cooked.
Go.
Oh, no.
No, it's possible. It's winnable. Go.
Zoe.
Bro, it's not going up.
We're cooked.
We're cooked.
Where's the key?
Okay, stop jumping off the platform.
All right, platforms first. Ready? Go.
Yeah. Go.
Ah.
We got it this time.
Okay.
Let's try to get up.
All right, now let him get up.
Come on, the rest of us go.
Let him get up.
Oh, let the key go up.
One at a time, bro.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, Zoe, you stole it. Shady.
Sadie has it.
Let him get up first.
Watch out, bro. Watch out.
Go.
Okay, come.
Go, Zoe.
Go. Go.
Yeah.
Yes!
We did it.
Oh, thank goodness.
Oh my.
Oh my goodness, we have like no time for that one. Level 2. 15 seconds.
15 seconds. What?
What do you mean?
Okay.
Good job, Zoe.
Push.
What do you mean 15 seconds?
Amazing job from Zoe.
Okay, so we might have to go instantly here.
Amazing job from Zoe.
Go.
Oh, my God.
Get in.
Yo, where's the key at, bro?
Oh, wait, there's no key.
How does the last person get up?
I think, wait, is there something on the left side?
Go.
Guys, we gotta find the key.
Wait, there might be something on the left.
Are we exploring?
Oh.
Oh, I told you there's something on the left side.
It adds more time?
Okay.
Oh, and we gotta get that one block at the top.
I'm gonna go up.
Okay.
Oh, I see.
Okay, we got some time.
Okay, someone messing me.
There's a block over here, too, if y'all want to push it.
Go.
All right, jump up.
Okay, I'll push that on you, Mia.
Oh, wait, we gotta push this one first, Miner. And boom. And now 2 people gotta get up.
Nice.
There. Jump on my head.
Okay.
Wait.
3. Oh, no.
Oh, now we get the key.
Let's go, guys.
Go.
Boom. All right. I won.
Push the block. Push the block.
Okay, guys.
Shady, you at the top.
So we might have made a mistake, and that block back there
Yeah, I realize that.
might need to be brought over here to get the other person up.
It's fine.
It's not fine. Mia's gonna be left behind.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that block at the top.
So at that top one, we have to bring it down.
Boom. All right.
Boom. All right.
Jump on my head.
Shady, you want to do the block?
I got the block.
I got it. I carry.
Who wants to walk it down?
I'm carrying.
Let Nico up here. Somebody gotta let Nico up here.
Okay.
Push it onto my head.
Oh, okay.
Here, you want me? Here, I'll start pushing it.
What? What?
Guys, someone go up with Shady.
Yeah, I need another person up. I need another person up. I need another person up.
I got it.
No, we're good. We're good. We're good. We got it. We got it.
What are you talking about?
No, we're good.
Let's go.
And then I push.
Oh, we got it. Easy peasy this time. We got to get it off Zoe's head, though, somehow. So everyone...
I think it's still on your head.
Okay.
Okay, back up. Back up. Back up.
All right, back up.
Okay, someone push it off.
I'll push it.
Take it.
Ah,
There you go.
Nice.
perfect.
There you go. Go, go, go.
Go. Key first.
Let the miner go.
Key first.
Get the key. Get the key.
Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Key first, key first, key first.
I have it. Let me in.
Dude! Whoever got the key, we just gotta all back away from him. Okay, let me walk over your heads. Nobody move.
Nobody move.
Okay, yeah, you're right, you're right, you're right. I think we do have time.
All right, go. Yes.
Open it.
Yeah, see?
And get it.
I told y'all. Minor.
Yo!
Let's go.
The trolling is crazy.
W.
That's just messed up. Level 3.
Time limit is stressful.
Okay, what time do we have here?
Oh boy.
Go, go, go. Magnets. Oh, God.
Oh.
Oh.
I jump on my head.
Oh, gosh.
Wait a minute.
Okay, wait. Wait, jump off the edge, maybe I can pull you up like that. Jump, Cash.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
And then I jump on your head here. And then I get these. Show up. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
Yo, what do we do if we're stuck on the bottom?
And now we gotta jump across.
Okay, perfect. I need someone down here.
And we gotta get all these.
I need to jump off your head here.
Yeah.
I'm stuck over here.
I got you.
We have one more.
Yep.
Yep, collect all those coins.
Oh, I'm getting all the coins up here.
Someone help.
And then I'll go here and I'll magnet you.
Wait, there's one more.
There's so much over here, guys. I can't get them.
Shady?
All right.
Got you. Nice.
All right, we gotta get them up here. Oh, yeah, I made it.
Oh, no.
Oh, Nico, there's one more coin up here.
Yeah, we're cooked.
Oh, nah.
We're cooked.
You gotta jump.
Bruh.
We're cooked. Just give up.
Go up.
Bruh. Okay, we know how to do it now, though.
Okay, let's go left side first. Left side first.
Yeah, I agree.
All right.
Because right side has the door. Right side has the door.
Now we know what to do.
But I think the key will spawn in the middle.
Go across here first, Nico.
Okay, nice.
I'll stay right here for you.
Here, Zoe, help me be at the bottom.
Are you sure?
Yeah, just jump on my head. Yeah, all those coins. Boom. All right, now go up.
Clear that, clear that.
Jump up.
And then I got you.
You. Let's get the middle.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, wait.
Here, Shady, I'll do the top with you.
Jump on my head.
No, you jump on mine.
All right.
Okay, lift me up.
I got you.
There we go.
Me, I move.
There you go. Boom. And then come down here and get all these coins with me.
Don't come down here. Don't come down here yet.
Boom, boom, boom. And then there's the key.
Okay, now someone come down here.
Okay, Shady, get the key.
Jump up.
Okay, I'll pull you up.
And then I got you, Zoe.
Thank you.
And now
Okay, we need someone to pull us up.
jump
All right, we gotta go. We gotta go.
and get up there.
Wait, okay.
Yes.
Come over here so Shady can get through.
They gotta get out of there, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, the key.
Yo, 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 yo. What is going on?
Pull, pull, pull.
Hey, I got you.
Nico, someone get him.
There we go.
Pull him.
The key.
Pull him. Pull Shady.
We can't get the key through, guys.
Oh.
The key.
Oh, the key person has to go first. Okay.
The key person has to go first.
Yeah.
Yeah, you were right. I did not know what she was saying. The comms were not there.
My apologies. I should have been more specific.
Okay, one person can be there. One person can be there.
I'll just stay here.
Okay, now jump on my head.
Okay, Miner, can you pull me? Oh, yeah, I'll go on his head.
Jump on my head. Jump on my head.
Yes.
Now miner pulls us up.
Insert the key.
Let me up.
I got y'all.
All right. I'm just gonna make sure that everyone gets through.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go.
Yes.
We did it.
Finally.
W.
Oh, yes, sir.
Whew, time limit is stressful.
Well, there's one more, and this is the hardest one.
Oh gosh.
Level 4. Okay, press space to use skill. Oh.
Whoa!
I collected Mia.
I'm stuck in the ball.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Boom. Collect me. Thank you.
Collect me.
Here, jump on my head.
I got you.
Uh-oh.
Where?
I don't know where you just went.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, I got you.
Oh, shoot me through that hole. Boom.
Boom.
Show up.
Eve.
Yeah.
Do your thing. Do your thing. Do your...
Yeah.
Dang.
I missed.
Wait, okay, everyone go in here.
Oh, yeah, we gotta group up.
Shady, you want to shoot Zoe?
Do the strategy.
Yeah.
I'm in Zoe's gun.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
Word.
I'll let you do it, Nico.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Nice.
There we go. Now we got everyone.
Here, just stay as one.
Oh, yeah. Everyone combined.
What happens here?
You gotta time it.
Okay, get me, Miner.
All right, here, watch this. Watch this trick shot.
Trick shot. Oh.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Oh, and there we go. Oh. Oh.
Trick shot.
Yo.
Boom.
But I got it. I got it.
Trick shot, boom. Oh, I tried.
Nah.
Oh, I got it.
Ooh.
Oh. Okay, well, we all need to collect into one before doing that, though.
Okay, now I just need to shoot you.
Yeah, let's get him.
Give me you.
I'll open the door.
Back up off me.
Oh.
Back up off me, bro. I need some space.
We got time.
Wait for it.
Oh, no. Okay. Boom. Wait, what?
Wait, miner, you collect him. Miner, you collect him.
Miner, collect me. Boom. Okay.
Trick shot it. Boom.
No, just have Mia grab you.
Oh.
Okay, ready? Shoot at me. Shoot at me. Shoot at me.
Now you need to collect Shady.
Shoot it, Shady.
Spam your ball.
What? Oh, no.
Why is Nico back in there?
Okay, Nico. Bro, how did you get there?
Nico, bruh.
Someone shot me in there.
Nah, you walked to the wrong side, bruh.
All right.
Okay, just hurry up.
Oh my goodness, Zoe.
We need to be as efficient as possible.
Okay.
All right, boom. Collect me. Yeah.
Okay, nice.
Okay, we could just stay as two for now.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a bar there?
Back up off me.
Yeah, this is a different one, remember?
Back up off me.
Oh, sorry.
Back up, bro. We're kissing.
Word? Pause.
Boom.
Yeah.
Nice.
Give me.
Nah, why?
Oh, no.
Collect me.
Oh, I forgot about that.
All right.
Okay, okay.
Nico, move.
Okay.
Boom.
What?
Shoot me.
All right, there we go.
Wait, let me sit on your head.
Oh,
Cash.
Cash.
Cash, let me sit on your head.
We need you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Stand there, and there we go.
Okay.
Okay, just keep walking. Just keep walking. Y'all good. Y'all good.
We need to combine.
All right.
Shady, I need to unleash Shady.
Unleash him.
Okay, everyone combine into one.
Now collect me.
Shoot Cash. Shoot Cash. Shoot Cash. Shoot Cash.
Boom. All right. Get me in there.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now shoot me out.
Now let go of everyone first.
Open the door. Open the door first. Open the door first. Open the door first.
Hey, Mia.
Okay.
Open your.
This is why I said open the door.
All right, now get Shady.
Okay.
Okay.
And why is Zoe the one doing it?
Oh God. Why is Zoe? Why is Zoe?
Minor.
Okay, get ready.
Minor, I need you to.
Okay, I'm gonna jump.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yes!
Yes!
Wait for my cue.
Wait for my cue.
Holy smokes, bro.
We did it.
You almost sold with the door, bro.
Why is Zoe the one doing
World 5 complete.
Hey.
Now it's time for World 6. Shoot 'em up.
Shoot him up.
I hope I get to slaughter Zoe.
Oh, we playing Geometry Dash now.
Whoa!
This is not Geometry Dash.
Okay.
One of y'all just shot me.
Wait, really? Did I shoot you?
Yeah, you can shoot each other, so watch out.
There's friendly fire.
Yo!
I don't think we die, though. We just get stunned.
No. I think you have 2 lives. You have 2 lives.
You wanna see?
So just...
See, here, you die.
Stop shooting me, Zoe!
I wanted to show you.
Yeah, I saw it.
Okay, 2 people should be the shooter.
Yeah.
All right, me and Shady.
Or no, Nico and you. Nico and you.
Yeah.
All right.
And just everybody else dodge the bullets.
Everyone else in the middle.
I'm a guess we're gonna have to go... Oh.
Oh!
Yo, we gotta pick a hole!
Minor just went in front of me.
You can only shoot your color.
Red, green, yellow, blue, purple, orange.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll be last.
Maybe it'll switch. I don't know.
Wait, what does that mean?
It's the way we have to destroy the colors.
You have to shoot your color.
Ouch.
Okay.
Okay, red.
Now blue, now blue.
Okay, boom.
Yeah.
Just stand close to the top.
Green.
Orange, Zoe!
Zoe, watch out!
Oh.
Zoe.
Oh!
Move. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Hey!
Yes, go!
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 Zoe.
Move out of the way!
Zoe, get in here, get in here.
Okay.
Put the key.
Hey.
Press it.
Press it, man.
We did it.
Jeez.
Holy smokes.
That was awful.
I was stuck in a crevice.
Nah, bro got blasted in his buns.
Oh, we got. Wait, I'm standing on the mine. Oh.
Oh, why am I on Shady's head?
Okay, only the people standing are the shooters. So, Minor, you need to control.
Okay.
Oh, wait, I'm controlling Zoe.
Shady, I'll be up.
Oh, yeah.
No, Zoe, you shot Mia.
Zoe, brother. I'm gonna die.
Dude, I'm weaving. I was weaving so much.
All right, Mia, shoot.
Yo, orange fire.
Zoe.
Make it 2 blocks tall.
2 blocks?
Bigger.
You got bigger.
Stop shooting.
Zoe!
Oh my goodness.
Why are you running?
Why are you running?
I didn't move! He pushed me!
Why are you running?
Okay, I am shooter.
Oh my god.
I'm up top?
Yeah, we could just dodge. Oh, bougie.
Oh my gosh, I just hit the top.
Orange fire.
Nice.
Spam it.
Nice!
Purple fire. Ugh.
Oh, my fault. I think I pushed you.
Oh, Nico pushed her off.
The miner nudged into Nico, bruh.
Now, get me up there. Get me up there.
Okay, excuse me.
I got it. Oh, why am I back?
Move!
Nico, really, dude? Okay, now it's Mia.
Okay, it's orange.
Watch out, it's 3 tall now.
No, Zoe.
Go. Yeah.
Okay.
Good stuff.
Oh yes.
Hey, yes, sir, bougie.
Careful.
Flappy bird.
Okay.
Oh, Zoe, look out! Oh!
No, stop it!
Oh!
You guys should probably back up a little. Oh, Nico.
Yeah, back up.
Nico, shoot it.
Mia.
Somebody gotta get it.
Okay.
Nico, get up there.
Baby, go down.
Somebody gotta get it.
Oh, I'm jumping ship.
Jump. Wait, what?
Oh.
He literally landed on me.
Yo, ship man, you need to be closer.
No, you were far away from me.
Oh, maybe I should just stop on the wall.
Okay, wait, go back a little bit.
Orange.
Got it?
And green.
Okay, Minor, you gotta get it.
Minor, go up there.
Yes.
Lock in.
Nico! Bro almost flew us into a wall.
I forgot.
Good stuff.
Okay, now Minor, let me and him go up. Don't interfere.
Let me shoot Zoe one last time.
No.
Yeah. Oh, we did it.
Yes?
W.
Thank goodness.
Yes, King.
Holy smokes.
Let's go.
Level 3.
Go time.
Whoa. We're all ships now.
Ow, Nico.
Whoa, break it.
I gotta break the block!
Okay, we gotta let the 2 colors go first. So once we see it, just back up.
Okay, stay in the back. Stay in the back of the screen then.
I think I will fly.
You're just chilling over here.
Okay.
Nico, I look like I'm your fedora.
Okay.
Oh, it's me.
Red and blue.
It's me.
Oh, we're gonna get squashed.
Hi.
Hi.
All right, what's this next one?
Orange.
Ooh.
Orange, yeller.
Yo, shoot, shoot, shoot.
Oh.
We're good.
It's gonna be orange.
It's me. Move. What was that?
Okay, boom.
Orange.
Okay.
Okay, now minor.
Get us in, get us in.
Oh, that was easy.
Oh, yes, sir.
Nico, what are you doing, bro?
Kind of that.
Any challenge.
Let's go.
Always me.
Light it up.
Level 4.
Oh, the shielders.
Okay, wait, we got shields and guns.
Pew, pew, pew.
I will kill them for us.
Oh, sorry, Miner.
Yes, I'm the protector.
Reinhardt, go in with your shield.
Group up with me.
I would not want to be the shield.
It's a boss.
What is this?
I'm flying above it.
What do we do?
It's a boss, bruh.
How did you die to it, though?
Ran into it.
Ran into it, bruh.
Oh.
Oh, I'm a Reinhardt. Yeah!
You can't. I don't think you could do that.
Shield dash.
What's the shield for?
I'm the shield now.
I think it's for the final boss.
Okay.
Oh, you can get rid of the red balls.
Yeah, just the balls.
So start shooting, I guess, if the boss is in front of us.
No, once the health bar pops up.
Oh, okay.
Let's all go over here.
So back up. Keep your space. Keep your space.
Back up.
I'll take the bottom lane.
I'll take top.
All right.
Oh, I got the balls.
Yeah, Mia.
Mia, you're gonna die.
Oh, wait, I wanted to get the balls.
Run away, you're gonna die.
Run away, you're gonna die.
How do I get? Okay, so do I go bottom?
Bruh, shielders, get out of there.
Shielders, I'm gonna shoot you.
All right, all right.
Ah!
I'm staying at the bottom. I'm staying at the bottom.
Oh, yeah.
They can dodge.
I don't need no shielders, bruh.
Help, I need a shield. Ugh.
Wait, where there's a... Oh!
Whoa!
Okay, that's when we need the shielders.
Oh, now it makes sense.
So after he backs up, then the shielders need to go in front.
Nah, bruh. Why am I a shielder?
You got it, Nico.
Oh.
I got you, Zoe.
I need healing.
Yo, I'm gonna get blasted.
Okay, shielders.
Get behind him! Get behind him! Get behind him!
Ah!
Oh, we did it.
Okay.
Okay.
Get down.
Okay, he's back. He's back.
Fire!
Hey, yo, get that DPS up.
Oh gosh.
What did he just load up? What did he just load up?
I don't want to shoot someone.
Oh, we're good. Oh gosh, I gotta dodge these. Thank you, Miner.
I got you, Zoe.
Thank you.
I got you.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. What do those mean?
What is going on?
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Is he gonna kill us again? Woo!
Whoa!
Oh.
No, don't shoot right now. Don't shoot right now.
Okay.
I'm going behind Nico. I'm going behind Nico.
It's about to bust.
Stay behind the miner.
Hide!
Don't move.
Ooh, we're alive.
Nico, we're scared.
Okay.
Okay, now we go Brazy. I got.
Okay.
He's back.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
Oh, now he's shooting both.
Hey! Oh!
Whoa.
Ugh.
Okay, watch it.
Don't want to hit anyone.
Okay, Zoe and Mia, you don't shoot. Whoa! We're so close.
Boom.
I'm hurting.
Oh, thank you, Nico.
Oh gosh, oh gosh.
Oh.
Whoa!
Oh!
Okay, we're good.
Stop that dang!
Thank you. All right, I'll go back in.
Okay, yeah.
Wait, it's gonna bust. Come back.
What?
Come back.
Get behind the shields. Yeah.
Woo!
Okay.
All right.
Keep shooting those.
Shoot! Get that DPS going!
Oh, gosh.
I'm injured.
Oh, no.
Oh, I'm damaged.
I need healing.
Come on, Nico, you got this.
Ugh.
Okay.
Ugh.
Just keep blocking the rockets.
Oh!
Keep protecting.
Ugh. Shield. Get him. Shoot! DPS!
Oh, that's a big rocket.
Oh!
Oh, thank you, Miner.
Oh.
Mia, shoot!
Okay, get behind the shield.
I thought Cash and Shady were shooting.
Shield! Oh! Cash! What?
Shady died.
Bro, I died because the miner moved to go save Cash.
Oh, no.
It's okay, guys. I'm a shield.
Are we gonna do it?
Please.
It's at 1 health now.
It's at 1 health. Okay, at what I'd hide.
Just hide behind.
Just be careful.
We can't lose this.
Okay, just spam the blue thing.
Go ballistic on it. Yes!
Yes! Yes!
Oh my gosh!
Finally.
Okay, get the key. Okay.
Give me that key.
Nobody shoot.
Please.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh, bruh. Done.
Yes!
Done.
Ah.
Thank goodness.
Shoot 'em up completed. If you want to watch more videos from us, then click one on your screen right now. And also, don't forget to subscribe. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Today, we're back on Phasmophobia, and this time it was our goal to finally guess the right ghost and leave with all of our stuff. This game has been trolling us too much, so now it's time to win. Who's ready to figure out what ghost we got in this campsite?
Me.
I
Me.
Oh, I am too.
Look, we gotta capture a photo of the ghost this time.
Oh, and their name is Walter Lancaster. Well, sounds good. I'll grab a flashlight. I'll grab a thermometer.
Okay, I got the cam.
And I got the EMF reader. All right, let's go. I'm gonna speed run this ghost.
Oh, all we have to do is witness a ghost event. Okay, that's easy.
Yeah, that's pretty easy. Oh my goodness, it's already cold.
Do we have to be alive at the end, though?
Probably. Let me check where the fuse box is. It looks like it's in the top right. Okay, sounds good. Okay, I believe the fuse box is over here, right?
Maybe behind it?
Oh yeah, it could be behind you, right?
Aha, generator.
I turned it on. I believe that's the same as a fuse box, right? Usually when we're inside houses and stuff, it's like a thing on the wall, but this generator seems like it would make sense. Now I'm just gonna turn on my EMF reader and walk around. If it's in this bathroom, I swear, man.
Boo!
Hey! Yo, Zoe's scaring me, bruh. Stop doing that. I'll scare you.
No, you won't. I don't get scared.
That's Cap. She definitely gets scared. Okay, temperatures are low, but they're not too low. I'll check in the bathrooms again real quick. Does the temperature drop at all? A little bit, but not much. Okay, I've yet to check this side, so let's go over there. This map is huge. Let's see if temperatures drop over here. Okay, yeah, temps are really low over here. I'm not gonna lie. All right, I'll keep that in mind. The yellow tent has low temperatures. Okay, how about around these bowling pins? Yeah, still nothing. Let's go back in the yellow tent.
We gotta hurry up and find the ghost.
I'm trying.
Cash, think of the money we're losing right now.
True. Let me turn on the light in here. Okay, well, temperatures are low in here. I'm gonna drop my thermometer right there. Oh, EMF's going up a little bit too. Not at 5 though.
Well, I'm gonna leave this here
Okay. You should probably put it on the floor.
on the floor.
Yeah.
It wants to go on the table.
Is it not letting you?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, why is that door moving? That is so weird. Wait, no, just go right there.
Okay.
Okay, well, the temperatures dropped, but it didn't go below freezing. So I'm not gonna say freezing temperatures just yet. Did the activity go up at all?
No, but I think I saw a ghost orb.
Oh, really?
Like, I'm pretty sure it was a ghost orb, but Nico is also using the dots projector. But I don't know, like 75% sure that was a ghost orb? I don't know.
Okay, I'm gonna grab a UV light and a spirit box. Let's see if it wants to talk to me. Let's check the yellow tent again. I'm really suspicious of it. Hello, I would like to speak to you if there's a ghost somewhere in here, please. Oh, no.
I'm using oh wait, he's right here. He's right here.
What?
Is he?
Are you sure?
No, I don't know. I thought I saw like something.
We would like to speak to you. I want to try and ask it a question. Hello, hello.
I think there's a ghost orb in here. I think there is.
Are you sure? How do you know?
Yeah, it's in there, right?
I see something moving.
Okay, ghost orb is confirmed, and this is definitely the area.
Okay, I knew it. It's not talking to me through the spirit box.
It's right here, right? The ghost orb?
Okay, so we have ghost orb crossed off. Boom. Wait, let me see. Can I see the video camera?
Yeah. You kind of see it subtly move, but I could be tripping and it's just me being weird.
Let's see if I can find a ghost orb on this camera.
Walter Lancaster.
Hey, who turned out the lights?
Oh, that's a ghost event. It just breathed.
Guys, riding on the turtle!
Oh, right there, right there. Oh my gosh, I missed it. I missed it.
Is this riding?
Oh, that was close. Yo, Mia, you gonna die.
There's ghost riding!
Oh, there is? Oh my goodness. Yo, he got trash looking handwriting.
Dude, I got so close to taking a picture of it. I didn't know where it was, though.
Okay, wait. I need to turn this light back on. Where is it? There it is. Okay, so we got ghost writing and we got ghost orb. Turn off the flashlights real quick. I'm gonna check the UVs. Let me turn off this light too. Oh, there we go. Doesn't look like we're getting any UVs.
Walter Lancaster, give us a sign.
All right, I'm just gonna leave the UV light over here because I'm not getting anything.
Any ghost orbs?
I want to see it myself.
Well, yeah. I don't know if you can see it on that, can you?
Oh, I don't know. Probably not. Okay, I'm gonna see if there's anything back in the truck we can use. We already got 2 evidences so far. What's over here? Nah, is Nico head in the wall? Boy,
I'm placing this. I don't know how to put it back. How do I put it back?
you could just drop it on the floor.
Did you guys use the motion sensor?
No, not yet. I'll go put one in there though.
Is it the Polaroid how you take the photo?
Yeah.
Yo, we just heard something giggle, like a little baby.
A little baby giggle?
Yeah, that was creepy.
Hey, yo.
Okay, oopsies. I'm taking photos on accident.
I haven't even seen the ghost once. I'm gonna put this on the ground. If it tries to walk out of the door, it's doomed.
I'm trying to take a photo of it.
Yeah, be careful to not overuse it, though.
What, the motion sensor?
No, the camera. Like, don't take too many photos on accident, because I think it, like, overflows it.
Okay, we're definitely not getting freezing temperatures. Spirit box, do you want to speak to us? Hello? Would you like to say some words to the public? One word.
Walter Lancaster, hello.
Hello, Walter Lancaster.
We gotta get ready to run out. Walter Lancaster. Walter Lancaster.
Walter Lancaster. Walter Lancaster.
Does that actually work?
Walter Lancaster. Oh.
Get a picture, get a picture!
Oh, there it is. Oh, my.
Uh-oh.
I'm dead.
Oh, he just killed Shady.
I think I got a photo of it, though.
Did you get a picture of the ghost?
I don't know. I took a photo of Shady.
He's back, he's back, he's back!
Holy moly, I almost died right there. I'm gonna go back in the truck real quick. Oh, nah.
Shh, shh. Hey, yo. He's hunting again.
I'm dead!
All right, I'm pretty sure Mia just died. Just go back to the truck.
Yeah, Mia just died.
Mia just got strangled. You might have to take a photo of her body to get her stuff back.
Are you sure? What do you mean?
If you take a picture of their dead body, it helps. Okay, so we got ghost writing and a ghost orb, which means that it's either a mare, revenant, or a thayi. Let me see. Revenant. Okay, revenant needs freezing temperatures, and we didn't get that. So I don't think it's that. The spirit box wasn't working, so maybe not the mare. Ghost orb, ghost writing, dots projector. Yo, Nico, give me the dots projector. I don't think you know how to use it.
No, I don't think I know how to use it either.
Maybe that's the evidence we were missing the whole time. time. If we see something on this, it's most definitely the Dayi.
I thought I saw something on that. Should I just stay inside?
No, stay with me because I'm scared.
Okay.
Oh my god! Yo, who just threw that basketball at me? That terrified me. Oh my goodness. Wait, turn off your flashlight. I'm gonna see if I see him on here. Nah. Oh, dodge projector, dodge projector!
Did I get it? I think I got it. Did I get the photo?
Shh. Okay, well, Nico just died in there. I saw him on the dodge projector though, so that's got me locked in.
What if he lived?
Yo, what was that? No, Zoe, I just watched him die in front of me. He's gone. It's a Thayi. Okay, now the question is, do I go back in there and try and take a photo of their bodies?
We should just get out of here.
I think you're right. Everybody that's in spectator, make sure you press J and choose the Thayi. It's in the very bottom right. I'm like 90% sure it's that. If not, then I don't get how this game works. Because Shady was confirmed on the ghost orb. And then I saw the dots projector and we saw the ghost writing. All right, I'm getting out of here before he kills me. I would go take a photo of their bodies, but I'm all good. I'm not dying today. I'm saving the mission. What? All right. Yo, this game's a scam. This game is literally a scam.
Seriously?
Scamized.
What was it called again? A revenant? Okay, ghost orb, ghost writing, freezing temps. Oh, so it was freezing temps. We never got it.
It didn't go below 0. What? Maybe we should have checked it more. All right, this game's busted. I give up. All right, we're gonna try this again. This time we're hunting Bradley Brock, and these are our goals at the bottom. We gotta capture a photo of him.
Well, those are easy.
Yeah, we always say it's easy, but then it always somehow tricks us.
We got the other 3 last time now.
Oh, it's snowing.
Oh, it's so nice and snowy out here. All right, where was the fuse box? Bradley Brook, we're gonna find you, bro. Okay, it looks like it's in the basement. Fuse box is in the basement.
Water's on. Water's on somewhere.
Maybe Shady turned it on. I'm going down to the basement. This is where the fuse box is. Oh yeah, Shady's already there. Okay, temps are already getting low, but we gotta see. We gotta turn the lights on and then check the freezing temps. Let's see if it goes below freezing anywhere in this house.
It's in the bathroom. I got level 3.
I think it's most definitely in here.
It's in here, yeah. I got level 3, not level 5. So mark that off as we did not get that.
No, we could still get level 5 though. It just might be later.
By the sink, right here. By the sink.
EMF level 5?
Yes, EMF level 5.
Okay. Bradley Brock, are you with us? Can you give us a sign?
Man, it does not want to go below 32.
Excuse me, Bradley Brock. Can you give us a sign?
Yeah, I don't know if it's freezing.
Not freezing yet, but it could be.
Definitely not freezing.
Maybe there's a floor right above here that has him. We know he's right here in this area, but I feel like this room is so small.
I mean, the shower turned on by itself. I did not turn that on.
That is true. I'm gonna go get some more items. I'm gonna drop the thermometer. Okay, so that's good. We got one piece of evidence already. Mia found him super quick. Do we have a writing book in there?
Yes, I placed it down.
Okay, I'll get a dots projector.
I got the UV light. I don't know how to detect though.
Oh, you should see handprints or something on the wall.
Nico, you want to go camera and I'll watch?
I'll take the camera. I'll hold it. If Mia sees a ghost orb, we gotta be very careful.
Dude, I just heard like a phone buzzing noise. That was so weird.
What?
A phone?
Yeah, I don't know if I'm tripping, but I heard like,
Oh my goodness. That was like a perfect representation. I just put the video camera down right there.
Bradley Brock.
I'm looking on the dots projector.
How do we turn off the shower, bro? Can we do that?
Nah, look at Nico in here.
What do you mean? What's so funny?
I don't know. Just you looking with the UV light is funny.
I'm not seeing anything with the UV light, but I don't know. I don't know if I'm looking in the right spots.
He might have to hunt first for the UV light.
Shady, what does a ghost orb look like?
It's really small and white.
I think there's ghost orbs in here.
I'll check.
Yeah, go check.
Do you have the camera?
Here. Oh, wait. I left the camera in the bathroom. It's on the sink. We could both look. I'm not seeing any ghost orbs. Maybe she was looking at the snow out of the window.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I think someone might need to just pick it up and move around with it.
All right, I'll go do it.
Yo, can one of y'all pick it up and move around with it?
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Is that one? I think that's it. Yeah, that's a ghost orb.
Okay, ghost orb.
I didn't see it.
Yeah, you see that thing right there?
No? That white dot in the top right?
Yeah, the little white.
Wait, turn off your flashlight?
Ghost orb's in here.
Am I tripping? My flashlight is off, isn't it?
There is a ghosty orb.
You saw it, right?
Yes, I did. That was a ghost orb.
Wait, how do you know?
On the little camera itself, you could see a white dot that's just not there from anything else.
Oh.
I knew I was seeing something.
That narrows it down to 2.
And there's no ghost writing.
Raiju and Obake.
Okay. Yeah, you guys are right, I think.
Could you run the spirit box by chance?
Yeah, we need to check ultraviolet and DOS projector.
We gotta get it to hunt.
I mean, I could have it hunt me. I don't really care. Womp womp.
Mia, that's a bad idea.
Wait, just go around with the UV light while you do it.
Let me study these ghosts real quick. Raihu and Obake. Thrives on electrical current. If they become overwhelmed with power, they get agitated. Obake are shapeshifters. They take on humanoid shapes to attract their prey.
Mia might die.
Wait, what?
Oh, we have a lot of ghost activity. Check the cams.
Wait, we gotta look at her cams. Oh, I think she just died. Yep, she just died with the camera. Is Shady gonna pick it up? Oh, no, he's coming back. Yo, what happened?
Bro, she needs to not scream when it starts hunting.
Oh, was she not being quiet?
Yeah, she ran out and she was like,
Did you get any evidence from it?
I didn't.
All right, I'll go in and take a photo of her body. Try and turn on all the lights.
Check around with the UV, and then does somebody have the DOTS projector with them? Oh, get out, get out, get out. Shh, shh.
Oh gosh.
I got a photo. I'm dead though. Oh! I got a photo of it though, I think. Yo, look at that thing in the corner, bruh. Hello, bro. What you gonna do about it? Whoa. Is this like electrical current stuff? I definitely got a photo of it. Let me check. Hey, where is it? What?
You ain't no way, boy.
Ain't no way I didn't get it. You saw that, Zoe. He was right there.
I did see it, but maybe it's because you're dead.
Are you gonna try to get the photo?
Yeah. You see anything?
No.
Oh, it's angry, bruh. That thing is crazy looking. Oh, it just killed Nico. Nah. Nico dead. Did Shady get out in time? Oh, I think he did.
Brother, ew.
Nah.
I don't know who I think it is.
I thought if I just stood still, it wouldn't get me.
Well, what are we guessing?
Let's look through real quick.
Dude, both of them didn't go off.
I think it's the Raju.
Why?
We're 100% sure that we got a ghost orb.
Yes, 100%.
Yeah, I think that's it.
It's either the ultraviolet or the DOTS projector. If you get one of those, we'll know for sure.
I think it's the Raiju, bro.
Do you want to check with the UV light real quick or no?
We didn't do dots projector. We didn't make it in there.
We did do the DOTS projector, but we didn't see it.
We never saw him. I feel like we got to get evidence on one of those things.
Well, okay, question. Did the mirror, like, have blood on it and stuff already? Because when I UV lighted it, something glowed on it.
I mean, I can go in and give it a shot. I think I'm gonna die, though.
Yeah, if you think you're going to die, then we should just guess.
I think I'm definitely dead. Like, right as I step in there, he's gonna hunt me, and he literally knows exactly where we're at every time.
Wait, okay. You guys want to go with Raiju?
I'm going O-Bake.
You're going with Obake? Obake?
I saw something on the mirror with the UV light, but I don't know if, like, it automatically does that.
Oh, wait. Is he going back in? I'm just going to circle Raiju for now.
Nah. Sorry, honey. Looks like we can't stay. I think we should just call it here.
Well, I think Shady's leaving on the truck. Let's see if we got it.
Come on, come on, come on.
We got it! It was a Raiju!
Let's go!
Oh, thank goodness.
Oh, we got so much money from that.
And I also got scammed because I definitely took a photo of that ghost.
Wait, what? It just stole money from us.
Oh, because you died.
Oh, I unlocked the parabolic microphone, however you say it.
Okay, we got the parabolic microphone. That's dubs. We could finally use it.
Okay, let me buy it real quick.
Okay, the parabolic microphone will help us listen to the ghosts if they're nearby. It is super useful.
Okay.
So we got this now.
All right, do you want to man the microphone?
I'll do it after we figure out the room.
Okay, I'll just take it with me.
Emma Moore. It responds to people who are alone, and we can use an EMF reader to find it. All right, fuse box is on the left side of the wall. Got it. I think I know where that fuse box is. I'm gonna use the EMF to see where it's at. Emma Moore.
Emma Moore.
Did I grab a flashlight? Oh no, I grabbed the UV light. What am I doing? Okay, the fuse box should be right there. Dubs. EMF reader is now on. Is somebody gonna go back to the truck in a second?
I could go.
Okay, let me get your flashlight before you do.
Here.
Dubs. Okay, there we go. Now I can see. I'm just gonna walk around with the EMF reader and see if it activates anywhere. It says it responds when we're alone. So maybe we all just gotta be far away.
Okay, this is actually kind of crazy. I can like hear your feet through like walls.
Oh, nah. I'm gonna go check in the basement alone. Hello? Hello? Are you down here? Oh my goodness, this basement's creepy. I don't like it at all. EMF's not going up in the basement though. I'm gonna turn on the lights. I get freaked out when the lights aren't on. Still no EMF. Really? What about temperatures? Temperatures are definitely dropping over here. Oh my goodness, that was Mia. Wait, temperature is getting lower over here.
The temperatures were low right as I walked down the stairs. Like my breath got cold up here.
It's not going down low enough though. Like nothing's alarming yet.
What is that? That's 5. That's 5.
I think that was. I wasn't even looking at it.
EMF 5?
Oh yeah, it's when I stand in the middle of that. Look. Yep, that's EMF 5. It's right in the middle of that circle. I'm putting that down on my evidence.
If we leave one of us down here alone, it'll definitely spawn.
Yeah, it'll probably kill you too. You guys want to leave me alone down here? I'll see if it writes.
Yeah, I'll use the microphone and listen. Good luck, soldier.
Good luck. Don't let me die down here. Now look at Mia.
Okay, have fun. Bye.
Why is she walking like that?
Bro!
Hello? Are you gonna kill me? I'm just gonna be completely silent. I don't want to die. Hello? Emma Moore?
Boo.
Stop, Zoe. That's not funny.
Did you guys see the ghost orb?
A little bit.
Alright, this is really creepy though.
Wait, EMF is not going up anymore. Does it move? Where's the EMF now? Hello?
Emma Moore, I would like to speak with you one-on-one, please. Are you in here? Did you move rooms?
No, not in here. Very interesting. You are acting very weird. First you go EMF 5, now you go EMF none.
All right, let's shut off all the lights, and I also put the spirit box down for you.
Okay. There's no EMF 5 here anymore.
Really?
Yeah, I think it moved.
Word.
Let me check the thermometer. Oh, wait. Freezing temperatures. We got it. Okay. Freezing temps.
Okay, so is that the only evidence we have so far?
Yeah.
Freezing temps.
I feel like that EMF level 5 was unreliable because it barely even did it.
What's her name again?
Emma Moore.
Emma Moore, are you here with us today? Give us a sign, Emma Moore.
She's not speaking. Should I get the parabolic microphone? I'm gonna go back up.
I have it right here. It's kind of mid. It just like hears through walls.
Oh, there's Nico.
Yeah.
What was the activity looking like?
You find EMF?
We got freezing temps and EMF level 5. All right, I'll get a dots projector and a UV light. All right, let's test this UV light. If we get this, then I think we got one locked in. Oh, an event's happening. Was Shady getting possessed?
Shady might be dead.
No, I think he's alive.
Yo, I'm chilling. I'm good. I think everybody needs to be out of the house. It threw a hammer at me when I was alone. So who wants to stay down here? I don't mind if it's me, but I think everybody needs to be completely out of the house for it to like do anything.
Oh.
Okay.
Because it literally threw that hammer right there. Oh, it did it again.
Wait, what?
I think it did. Yeah, it just moved.
Do you want to take this UV light and check it?
You want me to stay here with the UV light?
Yeah, I'll leave it here in the center.
You gotta like check on like doors and stuff. It's like the best way to check.
Okay, I was just looking at Nico through the dots projector. That was terrifying.
I found the walkie-talkie.
Nah, not Mia with a walkie. All right, let's leave Shady down here. He's gonna use the UV light. Wait, oh my goodness, what did I just see? Was that glitch? All right, good luck, soldier. We should set up a video camera before we go. Does anybody have a video camera?
Yeah, put one down here. Put one down here.
Okay, we'll go get some. Shady's about to die down there before we even get back.
True, I want me to be with him.
Oh, get me out of here, bruh. I'll grab this video camera and then put it down there so I can watch. Shady's dead. Mia, Shady's dead.
I'm leaving the house. Over.
Oh, nah. Well, did he find anything?
I don't know. Why am I still using the walkie? Don't know.
Okay, let's not go alone. He's dead right here. Never mind, that's just Nico.
Oh my gosh, guys.
I'm dead. Rest in peace.
Oh my god, Mia just died. All right, we gotta get out. Bro, we gotta get a photo camera and take a photo of their bodies.
What does that do again?
It saves their items.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I'll take a photo of their bodies, and then I'll check for any handprints or anything.
Got it. I'll just bring a flashlight and that's it.
If it starts hunting, turn off your light and go very silent.
Okay, that's what I've been doing and it's working.
Oh gosh, this is terrifying, bruh. If your flashlight starts blinking, that means it's hunting, by the way.
It got me! It got me!
Oh my god, oh my god. Zoe, it's gonna kill me, Zoe.
Cash, you gotta get out of there. You're the last one alive.
Oh! Bro, I wasn't even talking. That's so dumb. Hello? I don't know what to do. I literally was not talking at all. You saw that? Maybe my hiding spot was buns.
It was pretty bad.
It was a djinn.
Oh.
What did you guys guess?
I guessed it.
Nah.
I guess the twins, dude.
Did you guys get your money saved because I took photos or no? I think I had to bring it back to the bus probably.
Dude, I should have guessed Jen. Dude, yeah, because I guessed the twins because it was like two different looking things in the ghost form.
Oh.
I did a random guess and I got it.
Man, we got trolled, bruh. If you want to watch more videos from us, then click one on your screen right now. And also, don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe!
Bye, guys. Bye. Today, we opened our very own grocery store. It's a game called Grocery Store Simulator, where you and your friends must buy inventory, stock the shelves, and hire employees. And you gotta do all that while making sure your customers don't get impatient. I'd say we're some pretty good business owners. Small business owner check. Who's ready to run this store with me?
I am.
Maya!
Okay, Mia, you will be appointed as our manager because you look the most like one.
Thank you, sir. Nico, get to work.
What?
Oh gosh.
We all gotta get to work. Even Zoe's gotta come in.
I'm the cash register.
Okay.
Okay, here's our checkout counter. As you can see, it shows you the change you need to give and then how much they pay you. So that's whenever they buy stuff. But we got nothing on our shelves.
We need to restock.
Alright, I'm ordering goods. What do we want?
I can move this shelf wherever I want. Boom.
Get a burger.
Cash, this is the main computer.
Oh, this is where you order the inventory for the store. So let's see what we want. We have $100 to our name.
Okay.
I think we should buy some flour for sure.
Yes.
Let's buy 2 flowers. We don't have enough store level to get any of the drinks, fruits, or utility. Oh, wait. Actually, we can get washing powder. You know what? Why not? We'll get 2 of those. Let's also get some potato chips and some bean soup. That's going to cost $77. Is that okay? I ordered it.
Yeah, that's fine.
Now we only have $22 to our name. Let's see where it comes in from, though. We need to sell some of this stuff. I see the truck.
Oh, I'm coming.
Oh, don't get ran over. It's going to the back.
But you can sprint. Look at me.
Look, it's going to deliver right here to the garage. Open up.
I got that manager run.
Ooh.
Give us our inventory. We need to sell this stuff.
Yeah, gimme.
Yo!
Ooh, take the boxes.
Potato chips.
Alright, I'm gonna put them over here in the storage.
Maybe we should just put it on the main shelf. Oh, yeah, look at what Zoe's doing.
I'm cooking.
You could place all the stuff over here.
Oh.
I'm putting potato chips there.
Ah, flour!
I'm gonna leave the box over here, too. Don't need it.
Oh, wait, each one has a section.
Hey! Who closed the garage on me?
My fault, let me open it.
Sorry.
We might need these boxes, so I'm gonna keep them in the back, just in case.
I'm throwing them on the floor.
Hey, yo, bro, this is not organized.
This looks amazing.
Place all the empty boxes over here. We need to also put the washing powder here, too. At the bottom. There we go.
We need some customers in here.
Any more items we forgot?
I think we're good.
I think so, too. I'm taking this box because we need everything we can get for now.
These Pringle chips are good. Is it bad if I eat the inventory?
Yes, Zoe. How we're gonna make money?
But yummy.
It's coming out of your paycheck.
You were supposed to eat the inventory.
It's really good.
Okay, we don't have enough level to get any employees. We can get some decorations if we want to make it look nice in here, like a nice rug.
Do a rug, do a rug.
That's the only thing we can really afford, so I'll order that.
Perfect.
And then what do we want the name of the grocery store to be?
Name it Zoe World.
Zoe World.
No, I want the name. No.
Applied. And once we upgrade our store, we can get more storage space.
Zoe already has a shop. Mia wants a shop.
Now Nico wants a shop.
Where's our rug at? Oh, I think it's right here. I'm gonna place it at the front. Or right here. Look at this.
Yeah, people gotta wipe off the toesy.
Right in front of the shelf. Boom. You see that?
Wow, this rug is nice.
Fancy.
Oh, now right here we press the button to open the store.
Let the customers in.
We have 13 minutes to sell as much stuff as we can here.
Okay.
Guys, no one's coming.
I see someone coming in. Look, that looks like the Nico car.
Cash, I think that's the time of day.
Oh, that makes sense. It's going up.
Somebody get to the checkout.
I'll be at checkout. Don't worry.
All right, let's go. I'm gonna sit in the back and do nothing.
All right, I'll handle all the customers. Don't worry. Hello, Mrs. Lady.
I'm gonna watch Cash.
You guys are gonna watch me?
I'm gonna watch you handle the job.
She's taking potato chips. She better not steal that stuff.
Oh, I think she's gonna rob.
Come over here and check out, guys.
Yo, they took everything.
All right, okay. I guess they're together. I guess we can scan that item, scan all of this, and now let's see. The total is gonna be 25.23. Now give me the money. Oh, take cash. Boom. She gave me 30 bucks, so I gotta give her back 4.77.
Yo, Cash, we got a line. We got a line.
Yo, we're struggling.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, you're welcome. There's your change. Now take it. Okay, I gotta go faster. We're starting to get a line here. Give me your cash.
Yeah.
Cash, you're fumbling.
Ooh, use card reader. 1676. Okay, thank you, sir. Let me scan all your items. Take your card. 1675. This is way easier than taking cash. I don't have to give them any change. Give me your card. 2174. Okay, you're good. I'll scan all these for you. Oh, he gave me cash. I gotta give him back 597.
Aww.
5, 1, 2, 3, 85, 95, 97. Okay, we're good. There you go, sir. I'll scan your items. Give me your card. 1455. There you go. See, I cleared out the line super quickly.
Let's go.
When they give their card, it's just easy to charge it whatever I need.
I'm not gonna lie, I spent some money, by the way.
What'd you spend money on?
I got us a shelf.
Oh, another shelf. Okay, that's good. I'll keep running the checkout.
Okay, got it. I restocked on our inventory.
Oh, this guy wants to check out. Oh, he's giving me cash. I'm gonna give up 196. All right, 1, 1, 2, 3, 85, 95, 96. Confirm. There you go. Yo, I'm quick at giving change. Y'all see this?
You're cooking.
I'm throwing away our old boxes.
What if we need those boxes?
I think we get new ones every time.
All right, I'm scanning all this stuff for these guys. 196 again. 1, 2, 3, 95, 96. Oh, change amount is incorrect. Oh, there we go. 196. Boom.
Yo, there's a guy with a Lamborghini out here.
What?
Yo, what? I wanna see.
Yo, a Lamborghini. Oh, it's good. It's going. Ow.
No, come back, come back. Aw.
51. There you go, sir. Please give me a card. Yes, thank you. 2174. Oh my goodness. There's so many customers here, guys. 2294. Boom. Okay, you're good. How many customers are we getting? I gotta give 184. Okay, 180, 1, 2, 3, 4. You're welcome. Please give me a credit card. Yes, thank you, sir. 1617. All right, guys. Where's the Lamborghini?
The Lamborghini's gone. Wait, it's right here.
Whoa!
Look at this.
Yo, he got a red. Wait, this is a Countach.
Oh no.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying.
Ooh.
Okay, Booge. What year are we in? 1991?
I don't know, but I'm really liking this store, guys.
Oh! I got ran over by a car.
Nico World is making a lot of money.
That's not the name.
What do you mean? Look outside.
Okay. Whoa. Look at the top right. We have 153 bucks.
Yo, who changed the name?
Yo, how'd the name change? What?
Nah, Nico World.
That's crazy.
That is insane.
Thought Nico World was gone.
Should we order some more inventory? I think we need some more shelves out here, guys. What is this buns looking shelf?
I ordered some inventory.
We got a duty booty shelf over there. We need to change that thing.
Nah, you a duty booty.
Store expansion. I'm gonna buy a large shelf. Boom. Order.
Mia, work that. Work that cashier, Mia.
75.
Don't worry. We're over here restocking. We got you, Mia. Item must be the same. Oh, okay. So we gotta have each shelf.
Yeah, you gotta wait.
Okay, Mia, let me cook.
Alright.
Where is my shelf? Can this delivery truck hurry up?
We gotta throw away the boxes, Goofy.
Wait, how do you do it? How do you do it? I don't understand. Guys.
Oh, thank you for the shelf. Boom. I'm gonna place a shelf right here for you guys.
Somebody's struggling.
Wait. Guys, I'm losing customers.
Oh, no.
Nico!
Scan item.
Scan it faster.
Yo, I can't. You guys take over.
Here, give it to me. Boom. Give me your card. $29.94. Boom. Thank you very much. Let me scan your items.
Okay, how did you do that so easy?
Cash, 253. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. There you go. All right, give me your card. 242. Boom. Thank you very much. Scan all this. Cash, 310. 1, 2, 3, 10. Boom. Please give me. Oh gosh. Okay, 802. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. You're welcome. See that?
Okay, I'm gonna try it.
All right, let's see how fast Mia can scan the items.
Okay.
Nah, that was slow.
And cash. Change to give 3. 1, 2, 3. 85. 9. No, not 95.
Nah.
Oops. How do I take away something?
Oh nah. We got someone waiting in line, Mia.
I don't know. How do I take away the change?
Just give him the change. It's 2 cents.
How do I give it to him?
Confirm.
Confirm. Change is incorrect.
Just get out of the chair.
Oh.
Here, I got it. Take back 1 cent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't care. That's faster. Okay, please give me credit cards now, guys. It would help. No, 36 cents. Bruh. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1. Boom. Credit card. 129. Thank you. Please give me another credit card. Thank you. 1567. And then you. Cash 258. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Boom. See that? Oh, you again. Bruh.
Thank you.
If you don't give me a credit card, thank you, sir. 1804. And now you give me that. 1219. When they give credit cards, it's so much quicker.
Yo, what if we change the price, guys? I'm thinking that we increase our margins a little bit.
I think so too. We gotta make more profit.
We up in the price?
I'm changing our everything $1 up.
Man, look at his businessman. So inspirational.
Entrepreneur.
For real. It's like Zoe running her candy shop.
I made everything $1 more expensive. Oh gosh.
Oh yeah. Yay.
Oh look, Mia's manning the register over here.
I did it. I did it.
Well, it does make sense when the store is named Mia is Buns.
Dude, is that literally the store name?
Did we change the name again?
Come on.
Bro, who did that?
We have 195 bucks. I think we should save up so that we can buy this checkout counter.
I agree.
Also, there's a storage dumpster, but we don't have enough level for that.
I'll look at the analytics after this. I'll see the checkout percentage based on these new prices, guys.
We gotta make it to 400 bucks. Also, yeah, I feel like we're getting a lot less customers.
Should I change the prices back?
Maybe just keep it for a little bit.
I can't believe that's the name of the store, bro.
I know who decided that.
Scan his card.
Perfect. Why would you use a card? Dude, I'm killing it.
Okay, Mia. Yo, why this person walking behind?
I don't know.
Nah. She taking rice.
I said rifle.
She taking some Mr. Wash. Some chips. Okay.
Watch how fast this goes. Oh my gosh, grab card.
Nah.
Nah, the manager.
Grab the card.
That was slow.
Hey, let me speak to the manager.
Nico, you're getting in the way.
Get away, bro.
My fault, my fault.
The customers need to buy stuff.
Dude, we got 24/7 at traffic. Look at this.
That's a good thing.
It's like 12 a.m. right now.
We gotta get some more shelves in this place, but I'm trying to save up for 400 bucks. Who's buying more stuff?
I'm getting the inventory, bro. How are you supposed to make money without spending money?
I guess you're right.
You tell him, Nico.
You gotta spend money to make money, bruh.
All right, fine. Then in that case, I'm getting another shelf.
Yeah, exactly.
Large shelf. Boom. Order.
Well, I don't even think the shelves matter. We need to keep refilling them.
Well, if we have more stuff on the shelves, then more customers will buy stuff.
You know what? I'm ordering a ton of stock.
Do it.
$100 order. Should we do it?
We should really get a dumpster, I feel like.
I know, right?
We have one.
We do?
Out front.
Oh, nah.
You gotta do a walk.
Are people still ordering at these prices?
Yes, I'm getting a lot of groceries.
I think there's a lot less. Maybe we should lower it.
Okay, I think we should lower it.
Give me the box.
Oh, someone just left because it's expensive.
A little bit above retail.
All right, I'm placing a shelf right here, guys. Boom. Now we got more space for them to buy stuff.
Okay, we're a little bit above retail right now.
Okay, your turn. That was tough, man.
It was tough?
Yeah, but I did really good.
It's not hard being the cashier.
I had to type in all the numbers.
Look, I'll do it. Don't worry. I'm good with numbers. I'm good for it. Yo, who put the shelf not against the wall over here?
Nah, who did that, bro?
Really? All right, give me your card.
Yo, I didn't know that. Yo.
Look how quick that was. Look how quick this one's gonna be.
You sound very suspicious.
Give me your card. 879. Oops, 79. Okay, maybe that wasn't that quick, to be honest. Maybe it could be because it's nighttime. Maybe that's why we're getting less customers.
Yeah, but someone said it was expensive, so we gotta take in customer feedback.
True that. We gotta listen to our customers.
In order to be a good business, you have to listen to people.
True beans.
Wee.
Come on in. Keep buying stuff. Thank you very much.
Guys, I like the name of the store.
Hey, what's the name of the store?
I like that name.
Zoya is the best.
I like that name.
Wait, what is the name of the store?
Zoya is the best.
Nah. Zoya is not the best. Cash is the best.
What? No, no, no.
Give me your cash. All right, 62. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. You're welcome. Give me all this.
Nico's changing the name.
No, I'm not.
43 cents. 1, 2, 3. Boom, there you go. Give me that. Oh my goodness. He said he was gonna use his credit card, but he just used cash. Bro lied to me.
Hey, yo, why is the name Zillion our hater now?
Guys, washing powder is our #1 moneymaker, I think.
Really?
Is it?
I'm not sure.
Wait, this guy gave me exact change. What happened to the lights?
What happens if I turn them off?
Don't turn them off. People aren't gonna come in anymore.
Okay, Bosh.
All right, give me your card. 29.48. Holy smokes. We're making a lot of profit off these people.
What do decorations do? I feel like those could be good.
It helps them stay longer for the environment.
I see.
Although I think we need more inventory, to be honest. Yes, keep buying more stuff from our shop.
Yep, I'm buying things. Oh, wait, guys. Oh, no, I thought we unlocked apples. Bruh. We need to increase our store level.
How do we do that?
I guess by becoming more bougie.
Yeah, our customers are slow and we definitely need to lower our prices a little bit.
I agree.
We do? Okay, I'm lowering them.
Lower prices but higher quantity. Trust me, I could take a lot of customers. Don't worry.
Okay, true. Should we lower them below retail? Wait, no. Then we'd lose money.
9.48. It just needs to be higher than what we bought it as.
I'm matching retail.
Just these? You're welcome. Wait, no change. Change to give 10 bucks and 50 cents? Nah.
Give her it in pennies.
Oh, that would be cruel, but also cruel on me, because I'd have to do every single penny.
True.
That would be buns.
Should I round it all to the nearest dollar?
Maybe. That would help.
Oh, yeah, okay, I'm doing that.
Actually, yeah, that would make change a lot quicker. It's becoming daytime outside again. The red Lambo's back.
Oh yeah.
All right, he gave me his card, $5.92. Thank you, sir. Have a good one. What about you? What you gonna order? Oh my goodness, that's a lot of items. All right, give me your card. $34.88. Boom. Easy beans. Yo, there's more shelves we gotta stock. I think we order a lot more inventory.
I agree.
Okay, I'm ordering one of every single thing.
Okay, Boj. We gotta fill up all these shelves. We got a ton of them.
I'm organizing all of them.
$29.50. Boom. Easy.
Zoe, we're getting stuff.
Oh yeah. Wait, there's only one item, bruh.
I ordered them separately, my fault.
Bruh, why?
They're coming in different trucks.
Okay, I guess I gotta wait outside.
Nah. Yo, look at this guy. He's got a tank top on.
Oh, nah.
All right, I'm a speed run. Give me all your stuff. Boom. Cash. 50 cents. Boom. You're welcome.
Look, I organized the shelves.
Mia, you see how fast that is? Look at how quick I am. Give me all this stuff. Give me your cash.
Oh, wow.
He gave me 50 bucks and the total was 15 bucks. So I gotta give him 34. All right, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 50. There you go. 39. Oh my goodness, this is a lot of stuff, sir. You paying with card? Yes, you are. We got 458 bucks.
What do we buy now?
We'll see. Let me just check out this customer and I'll check. 13.50 and then you card 17.50. All right, someone's gotta man the register for a little bit.
Okay, I'll do it.
I'm real quick buying more inventory.
Okay, let me see what else we can buy over here. Decorations. Ooh, maybe some decorations could be nice. I'm ordering some cool decorations for us.
I have a new shop name.
Kanoya.
What is that?
What is that?
That's all of our names combined.
Ah, okay. Do we need some more storage shelves in the back?
It'd be nice to have another one.
It would be nice.
All right, I'm clearing out our entire money. It's gonna be good.
Jeez, we're gonna be broke.
No, we're not. Don't worry about it.
This is a bad investment.
You gotta reinvest it to the business.
I might need help taking the stuff out of this delivery truck.
Cash, this is a risky investment.
It's okay. I'm moving this. Boom, that goes there.
I moved the store open to the back of the store so that random customers can't close our store.
Oh, true that. That's a good idea. All right, Zoe, help me. Let's go. Whatever you pick up, just place it where it belongs. Wait, what is this? Flour.
Ooh, I think that might have been for my order previously.
Nah, we got a queue of these delivery trucks.
I spammed them, bruh.
I think we should have one person that restocks, one person that checks out, one person that mans the computer over here, and then one person that brings it from the delivery to the storage.
Okay.
So I will restock.
Okay, I will check out.
What? But I've been restocking.
All right, fine, Zoe, you can restock.
I'll manage the orders.
Nico, you man the computer. Zoe, you said you were restocking. What are you doing?
What? Is this not restocking?
No, this is bringing it from the delivery truck to storage.
But I bring it to the shelves and then I stock it.
Well, you need to clear out the truck as quick as you can before it leaves.
Yeah, true.
And then we gotta throw this away. Nah, Zoe got locked out.
And I'm stuck outside. Man, let me in.
Hey, yo, we did put the washing powder on the shelves, guys.
I'm trying right now. I'm putting potato chips here.
Who's the restocker?
It's Zoe.
Make sure you guys organize the shelves. The tag doesn't go away.
I did restock.
Yeah, true that.
Guys, we could level up our store for $500 at the level up section.
We just need to get it to level 5 then.
Everyone, save money.
Bro, what are these stands?
Who ordered this stuff?
Oh, me. I wanted decorations. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
What is this?
I wanted cool decorations.
Who let Cash cook? Because that is not cooking.
There we go. One stand right there. And then we put one here. Hello and welcome to our store.
No, no, no.
I would leave the store if I was a customer.
Hope you don't run into the cactus on accident.
Oh my.
Zoe, why are you not throwing away your boxes?
Because I first need to put it up and then I throw away the boxes.
Nah, she lazy.
What?
Nico, more inventory.
Okay, guys, the potato chips are not popular.
Then let's stop ordering them. What's the most popular items?
We have so many potato chips.
Yeah, no, washing powder for sure. That's a necessity.
Oh, we got another delivery truck. Gimme, gimme.
Yes, sir.
All right, this will go down here. What else do we got to restock? Oh, more washing powder. Boom. Thank you. And then what is this? Flour. Yeah, flour will go right here on this shelf. Boom. Yo, these standees look amazing. Kanoya.
Nah, they look creepy.
Welcome to Kanoya.
I don't like the name.
Why not?
Hey, yo, we got trash outside. That's a bad look.
Nah. Zoe.
Who's throwing their trash outside?
Zoe.
Who did it?
Not Zoe, bro.
Give me that bean soup.
Who did that?
Zoe.
Oopsie.
That's a bad look, bruh. That's 1 stars on Yelp.
Bad looks, bad looks.
Yo, I think these people outside are low-key attracting customers.
True that. I told you. Health inspection coming soon.
Word?
What?
Make sure all the shelves don't have the wrong tags.
Wait, they have the wrong tags.
What do you mean tags?
See, like, where there's tags on the shelf, but there's no items?
No.
We gotta restock this washing powder. Oh, we need to buy some Dr. Perky for the store.
Oh, yum.
Everybody's gonna be buying Dr. Perky.
That stuff's good.
That's what I'm saying.
Guys, we are $200 away from a level up.
Yeah, we are.
No one's buying our bean soup, bro.
It's okay. I got the perfect thing to attract customers.
Oh my.
Zoe, give it.
Cash boy.
How have the customers been reflecting on the prices?
They've been fine, honestly.
I'm gonna place this right. Ow, car.
You got hit by the car.
Don't laugh. Can't place here. Where can I place it then? Bro, it's not letting me place, man.
What do you want to place?
Oh, I can place it right here. Boom.
What is that?
Yeah, Bolivia. Bolivia flag.
What?
What else we got here? Ooh, apple and cinnamon oatmeal. I'll place it right here.
Yeah.
Bolivia!
Bolivia.
Olivia.
That is our store. We're at 400 bucks. You want me to run the checkout for a little bit?
Yes, please.
I will do it. You must manage restocking.
I will.
I think we need more standy males. Guys, oh my gosh.
Word.
When we unlock store level 2, we could hire employees.
Do it.
No way.
We're about to make a lot of money from this lady. $16.50. Boom.
We're $30 away for the level up. Come on!
These next 2 customers should get us to 500. Give me all that. $9.50. Easy.
Yeah, we have an influx in store potato chips. I'm decreasing the price of potato chips by a lot.
We only got $6 left. $9.50. Boom. Hey, we reached it.
I realized when we reach full stock, then we could decrease the prices.
Can you level up the store? We're at 500.
We did? Okay, I'm leveling it up. You ready? Boom.
Okay, Beans. Are we level 2 now?
We are level 2.
26 bucks.
Cash, do you want to see what we can buy with the new stuff? Here, come over here. Come to the computer.
Yeah, I'm on my way. All right, let's see. Now that we're level 2, we can get John Anderson or Olivia Wilson.
Olivia!
Ooh.
They're both the same price, but one works in the day, one works in the night. I think we need a day shift.
We need day shift.
Yeah, we need the day shifter.
Why can I not hire them?
Oh, you broke it.
Did they cost too much?
Wait, we need 120 bucks because they have a signing bonus and then a payment per shift is 20 bucks.
Darn it.
Okay, so let's make it to 120 first. What else can we get? Ooh, we can get a bunch of stuff over here. Milk cartons. I think that's gonna be totally useful. I'm gonna order 1 milk carton order.
Exactly what I need.
And even some fridges. Oh, wait. I think the fridge might need to hold the milk so it doesn't get spoiled.
Oh, gosh.
You need me to run it, Mia?
Oh my gosh, you left it alone. You didn't tell me.
Nico said he was going to go run it.
He didn't.
Oh, wait, did I promise that?
He made me go to the computer for no reason.
Well, what do you mean? To see the new stuff, like...
No reason.
Milk carton.
It looks like Mia's got it all under control.
Oh gosh.
Wait, we have to put this in the fridge.
The milk cartons?
Guys, we don't have a fridge.
Just hold it. I'll buy a fridge soon. Just hold it. Just keep it in your hands.
I don't want to hold it.
It'll be okay. Just keep it in your hands.
It smells moldy already.
Word!
It is not moldy. We're chilling.
I'm gonna throw it in the trash.
No. I spent good money on that.
I'm gonna throw away the product.
Yeah.
We're almost there. We're only like 40 bucks away. Give me some of this. What's in here? Ooh, more inventory.
Great. Now I can't do my job.
You could do your job.
I have to put down the milk.
Bolivia.
Bolivia! Nah. What is you doing? You gotta take the cash first, and I'll give her change.
Wait, oh, take the cash. Oh, okay, so 5.
Nico does not know what to do.
How do I give? Oh, it's right here. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay, confirm. Nice.
I'll just chill here and hold the milk.
Oh, yeah. Just chill there.
Okay, I like switching jobs.
I am the fridge.
Hello, guys. If you want milk cartons, Zoe's holding.
Yo, I just gave her $2,000.
What?
Wait, what if we charge $2,000 to someone's card? Is that genius?
It doesn't work.
Oh.
Aw.
That sounds illegal.
Well, I don't know. New money making method.
Oh, we have enough money to buy the fridge. All right, I'm getting it. Store expansion, small fridge. Order. It cleared out our profits, but that's okay. I think we should move this shelf right over here. Boom. The fridge will go in the back.
Dude, I can't do math. I can't do math. Oh my gosh. Yo, someone take this over.
All right, I'm placing the fridge.
Nico doesn't know how to do math.
Nico.
Get a calculator.
Trying to place this fridge. Boom. There we go. Fridge.
Give me your money. Give me your money, bro.
Cash, there's a line.
There you go. There's a line. Oh my gosh. Let me run it.
Yo, okay, run it.
Give it to me. Ugh. Give me your cash. 280. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you. And now you next. 30 cents. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Oh my goodness. They're ordering so much stuff over here. Credit card 3260. Thank you, sir. Give me all your stuff. 2610. Boom. All right. I cleared them out.
I think we're doing good.
Oh, we are chilling.
Do we got a fridge now?
We do have a fridge.
What we do? Okay, I'll get the stock. Oh yeah, no, we are running out of stock.
Okay, bougie. 1669.
Do we order the new employee or order stock?
We ordered the stock.
We need 120.
We had 120.
2531. 2531. Give me all your stuff. Thank you, sir. Credit card 2409.
We're finally selling our chips again at $2.50.
Facts.
We had a surplus with that.
We need more inventory, guys. We're missing a lot of stuff here.
We're running out of time.
I think we got everything.
I think so.
I think we almost have enough to hire the employee.
We have $100. Do you want to get it?
Not yet. Hold on. 50 cents. Thank you. You next. Give me that. Oh, perfect change. Okay, we need one more dollar. Actually, no, we don't. We're at 120. So let me go hire this employee. John Anderson, we need you. $100. He will arrive today at 7. Hey, yo. Why is he going to be here so late?
That's late.
I should have ordered the night shift one.
He sounds sus.
992. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 85, 95. Oh, wait, no. 1, 2. There you go. Okay, give me your cash. 84 cents. 1, 2. All right, you next. Credit card. 598. Booyah.
When's the health inspector coming?
I don't know. Is that him? No, it's not.
No.
That's just a customer. Yes, sir.
Yeah. What did you want?
Uh-oh. We need a more variety of stuff. These guys can't find what they want. 2 people have already come in and they can't find what they need. We need to order one of everything, Nico.
Okay, got it. All right, we're ordering those.
All right, we're all gonna need to unload the truck.
I just spent $60 on inventory.
These people are getting disappointed.
I hope they like our inventory.
These orders are so small now. 1068. You next. 1398.
Oh yeah, it's go time.
Oh, it's here. All of the new inventory. Yes. Go, go, go. All right, this goes in the fridge. Item must be the same.
Fridge time.
What? In the bougie?
It's okay. Oh wait, no, it's not okay.
This needs to be refrigerated? Oh, no.
Okay, I got everything. It's on the shelves.
Here, give it to me. Give it to me.
Oh, there's someone over here. Oops. I didn't see you there, Mrs. Customer. Sorry. 3045.
Oh yeah, I cooked.
Okay, Zoe.
Guys, I'm holding milk. I'm holding milk.
I made it so we had everything. You're holding the milk.
Ew. It's gonna get rotten.
We gotta get the new fridge fast.
We gotta pick up these boxes.
Yeah, we gotta wait for what's his name? John.
The worker guy.
He'll be here in 2 hours.
I fired him. He hasn't even arrived.
You fired him.
I'm joking.
Nico.
Oh, look at Mia reorganizing the shelves for us.
Good job, Mia.
I want them to look super good.
Give me that cash. Change to give 31 bucks.
I had to give someone 76. I was like, bro.
Like, bro, why are you giving me 100, bro? We don't take hundreds.
Actually, we do.
We take every form of payment, even crypto.
We do?
26.47. And then you. 2 cents. Nice. There you go. 1 more hour until our employee is here.
I hear another one. You excited?
I'm excited for John. Wait, what's his name again?
Who is John?
John does not know who you are, little bro.
I'm buying another fridge, guys.
Oh, we're broke again.
But we had to get that.
We're broke.
We need at least 20 bucks to pay the employee. So keep that in here.
Oh, gosh.
30 minutes left.
He does not deserve $20.
Exactly. I say we cut his pay.
Me too.
All right, new fridge. Hopefully the food is not expired.
Guys, the employee's about to be here. Look, is he coming in?
Okay, well, we had to make a good impression for John. That's my goat.
He's taking the bus. He's here. Hello, sir. John Anderson. Give command. All right, we need you to clean up. Wait, we can have someone clean up?
Oh yeah, pick that up, please.
Wait, no, he should run the register, right?
Wait, he's cleaning up. I want to see what he's doing. I think he's taking the boxes away.
I don't trust him, bruh.
Take the boxes, please.
Yo.
All right, yeah. I'll make him check out people.
I know, this guy's wasted my time.
For real. We could just have him man the register. Let's see how good he does. All right, John. How quickly can you do it? Nah, bro, it's slow. Dude, really, bro?
Nah, bro, taking his time.
Bro, he taking his time. Are you serious?
Yeah, we are not using them.
That's better than not running the register, though.
True that.
But he's so slow.
I think we need to give him a break when that green bar on the top left goes down a lot.
What?
Yeah.
He needs breaks, bruh.
I guess so.
Me personally, I don't need a break.
That's what I'm saying.
Okay, well, we will expand on our store even more in the next episode.
Let's do it.
Yay!
If you want to watch more videos from us, then click one on your screen right now. And also, don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe! Bye, guys.
Bye.
Are you guys ready? The full release of No, I'm Not a Human just came out today, and these kinds of games freak me out. Listen, the reason they freak me out is because you have to try and decipher between a doppelganger and a real person. Imagine someone knocks on your door and you open it and it's like your mom. So of course you let her in the house, but then she kills you. That's what we're dealing with today. So let's start it up. I am so excited for this. I've never played on this channel. Oh. I've actually never seen this before. This looks like real life. Huh. It looks like this took place like in the 1980s. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, this is a real video. This is no longer... I feel like someone just took a real video and they animated it. We're gonna skip through that intro because it takes a little bit too long, and this is the actual game. I didn't think it was gonna be as green as this. Okay, who's knocking at my door? I can view it.
Hey neighbor, long time no see. How's life?
It's good. Are you a real person? How's life? Same as it ever was?
So let me level with you. I came over for a reason. I've been getting a little worried about you.
Okay.
I just got off the phone with my cousin. She told me that the news is saying something weird is going on with the sun.
Yeah, that's why we're all staying indoors. You should be indoors too.
And that there's people coming up from the underground. They're calling them visitors for whatever reason. Creepy stuff, huh? I sure hope it's not true.
Visitors? Brother, what is that?
Yeah, that's what they're calling the people from the underground. God knows why they're calling them that. I guess it's because they're visitors to the Earth, or the surface at least.
Visitors to the Earth, bruh? You talking about aliens? Or to the surface? That means they've been living underneath us.
Or maybe it's because they're going around trying to get into people's houses.
Brother, what?
My cousin told me that being home alone is dangerous. So I came over to make sure you don't end up hurt, or worse.
I can look after myself, bro.
I'm sure you can, but I'm not sure you understand just how dangerous it is to be alone right now. How about I stay with you for just one night, just in case? It'll really help put my mind at ease.
Oh, so you're the one that's scared. It's not even me. You want to stay with somebody else.
Don't worry about my family. A good friend of mine is staying with us now. He's looking after them while I'm here.
Brother, you should go take care of your family. You don't need to be staying with me.
Great, let's continue this conversation in the morning then. I'll see you in the kitchen when you wake up. See you in the morning.
What? So did you just enter my house and you know what? You'll see me in the kitchen tomorrow morning? Oh, you weird, bro. Okay, there's cigarettes on the table here, but there's 0 in there. There's a phone. Oh, I guess I can't use it yet. This is reminding me of like 60 seconds. Better not go in there now. I'll check during the day. Why can I not go in there now? Can I go in any of these rooms now? Oh, not even the kitchen. What about the office? Nope. It's not gonna let me go into any room, huh? I guess I'm gonna have to go into my bedroom. All right, kombucha. Oh, it gives me a save slot. Well, I don't really need a save yet. There's a radio that I cannot use. Okay, I can't use anything, so let's just... Okay, I can click that. I'll click the curtain. Nope, I don't look that way. Not anymore. Why not? Is something out there? Did you look out the window and you peed yourself? I hate sleeping by the nightstand. Too many bad memories. What are you talking about? Okay, should I just go to bed then? I guess so. Oh, what you mean you hate sleeping by the nightstand?
Breaking news. At 6:28 a.m. today, there was a powerful emission of energy from the sun. This burst of energy was far larger than scientists had predicted. As a result, temperatures outside have reached critical levels. The government has since declared a state of emergency. We ask that viewers refrain from going outside during the day. Up next, something lighter.
Okay, are we watching TV now? Well, I thought I clicked on the bed.
You'll see ballerinas dancing gracefully, crossing the stage in strong but delicate leaps. Despite the elegance, the dance evokes anxious thoughts.
Yo, what?
If only someone could have just explained what's going on.
What did I hear? I still can't look there. Still can't click the nightstand. Okay, should I go back to bed? I don't want to sleep right now. Well, I can't do anything else. I tried to enter some other rooms, but it didn't work. Oh. I guess I did sleep. It's daytime. Okay, I'm a little stupid. Sorry, guys. Sometimes I'm not... I don't like the way I open up the doors. Toto, pretty much the only toy I had as a kid. Well, except for the sticks we used. Okay. What about this cross? Don't get why it's not in the corner. I thought that was the rule. Okay, well, that's enough with the hall, I guess. Can you stop, radio? What in the... Whoa. To catch a signal, turn the right knob. To do this, left click and hold on the right knob and move your cursor. The left one is the volume knob. If you still can't get a signal, try changing the wave range. If to do this, left click on the handles in the middle and continue searching for the wave you need with the right knob. Okay, so Oh. Oh my goodness. How in the world am I ever gonna get a message here, bruh? I'm just gonna keep turning you. Am I gonna hear anything? What if I click this? Oh, wait. I see something. I see like hello. Unless I'm tripping. Oh, this is most definitely a message. Yo, this looks like... Can you... Wait. Oh, wait. Can you... What does that say, brother? Okay, I have no idea how to use this. Thank you though, Mr. Radio. I'll use you in a second maybe once I figure it out. Okay, let's go over here. Can I open my office now? Oh, here we go. One of these magazines where you gotta find a certain person in the crowd. It's like Where's Waldo? Okay. Honestly, I'm better off being alone. You can't even talk out loud to yourself. What? Is that like your ex-wife or something? Oh God, this is kind of sad. Why am I alone in here? Beer day 1? Okay, bro. Have I gone in the kitchen yet? Oh, it's the man again. Hi.
Dang. So it's all true after all. Well then, everything I said makes sense. Don't go outside during the day, and you have to remember to let other people in.
Why would I let people in? What?
I know you prefer to keep your distance from people, but you have to. My cousin doesn't know for sure why we can't just bunker down by ourselves, but she mentioned that if anyone comes and asks if you're alone, say no and tell them that someone's in the house with you.
Why do I need to have other people with me?
The people you let inside might bring something useful or share some interesting information. Just don't forget to test them for signs of being a visitor. You won't have much energy during the day with this heat, so choose who you want to test carefully. You'll have to take a real close look. It's strenuous, draining work, but don't worry about chatting with people. That won't take up any energy, so talk as much as you'd like. And be sure to look out your windows. TV's great and all, but there's no better source of info than your own 2 eyes.
What do we need to do?
I'm afraid all we can do now is try to survive, and hope this nightmare ends soon. I'm sure the government will help us somehow. Maybe they'll lead everyone to shelter or something like that. If they do, stick together with me and my family. Alright, that's it for me. Oh, and I almost forgot. I'm heading back home tomorrow night. Write down my number. They just set up the line over there.
Alright, 258-220. Thanks, bro. I guess I'll crack open a beer and get some sleep. If I ever feel like I've had too much conversation, drink a beer and relax. Okay, well, here's all the beers, but I guess I don't really need that. At least not right now. There's a cockroach. Ew, nasty. All right, get me out of this fridge. Grandma crammed every cabinet full of dishes. He's, I guess, the only person I can trust, but anyone who comes to the door, I need to make sure to test them. Oh God, dude. This is just like That's Not My Neighbor. Oh, what's these? When I'm gone, you decide if you want to open that box or not. Who said that? Been deciding for 15 years. I'm guessing it's his dad? I have no idea. Bathroom? Hello? Oh, there's a mirror. Window to another room? People used to do that to save electricity, so the light goes into the other, then they seal it up, but only on one side. So, okay, well, that's cool, I guess. Should I go look at my front door? I'm kind of nervous to look there. I can call my neighbor whenever I want, but I don't need to right now. Okay. Is anybody... No one will be out in the street at this time of day? I'm afraid looking out right now will make me go blind. I'll take a better look at night. So you're telling me I gotta wait until it's nighttime. So what you want me to do right now? You want me to try and fiddle with the radio? Oh, we're not getting any more broadcasts today. Okay, well, let's go to bed then, right? Or can I go out there? Nope. TV got anything for me? Nope. So you're not letting me talk to anybody outside. This guy just yapped to me for like 10 minutes, and I've looked through every single room. Or at least I think. I guess I have to drink a beer and then I'll go to sleep. Okay. It's because I'm full of energy? Fine. Let me drink one of these guys. That beer sure made me sleepy. I should go to bed. Alright. So that's all it took. 1 beer. That was a quick chug too. I feel like that would wake you up a little bit. Alright. Time to sleep. Thank you very much. Oh. Alright. Now it's nighttime. Someone's at my door. Someone's at my door. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Are you still in here, bro? I can't. Oh, okay, I can't go in any rooms when it's nighttime, but when it's daytime, I can. Oh gosh. So there's no hiding spot for me. Well, what do you want? Oh, you don't look like a little girl.
Hi. Is my daddy here? Can you get him for me? I was okay before, but I'm really scared now. There are lots of strange people out here tonight.
Tell me something about your dad.
I know a lot about him. He's my daddy, after all. I know that he likes to drink a little beer before he goes out. When he does go out, he always leaves me yummy lunch and dinner. And juice. But today I tried some of that beer stuff. Blech! It was gross. Why would anyone drink that when they could just have juice? Oh, please don't tell him I did that.
I don't know if how'd you get here in one piece?
I don't know. Everything feels like it's opposite day now. People stay at home and sleep during the day, and then go out and do stuff at night. I'm still scared of the dark, but maybe there's nothing to be afraid of. Or is there?
I'll go get your dad for you. Good luck.
Thanks, you too. I want to go home. It's scary out here. We're gonna play a new game Daddy made for me. You have to roll dice, and then you move stuff around like the armchair or the couch. You have to build a big pile near the door to win. I'll show you how to play another time. Bye!
Do you want to go with her? Is that really your daughter? Oh, he looked like I did him dirty. No way, someone's already at my door again. What?
Can I come in?
No, you cannot.
I was taking shelter at a bar down the road, but they kicked me out just like that. Why? I guess not everyone there found my personality particularly palatable. But I don't mean anyone any harm, don't worry. Life is crappy sometimes, you know? So what do you say, my good man? Can I come in?
You're not a visitor, are you?
Do I look like one of those monsters? No, I'm not a visitor. And you're never gonna get a straight answer asking that directly anyway. I guess things here won't be any different from the bar.
Why do you think it'll be any different here?
What else will I do otherwise? Just stand outside and wait for the sun to take my skin? No, I think I'd prefer to avoid that. As long as I'm alive, I'll look for someone to talk to. If that isn't here, maybe I'll get lucky somewhere else. And if I have an ounce of luck left in this life, it might just be someone who's not mean.
You should leave.
Understood.
Yeah, you're way too long, bro. I'm sorry. That was kind of messed up.
I understand your reasoning, but it still makes me mad. You're just as cowardly as everyone else in this town. Sleep well, my good man.
Oh god, another, how, I literally just stopped talking to that guy.
Sorry to bother you so late. It was just so hot out today and the TV said we shouldn't go out in the sun, so could you maybe, find some space for me?
Who are you?
I lived out near the city. The asphalt over there is heating up pretty bad, as you can imagine. I actually worked the register at a local store. At one point, I mean. I don't anymore. They, fired me. I've always had bad luck with work.
What do you think will happen?
I don't know. Will I survive? Who will help me? How much time do I have to look for help? I have no idea what's gonna happen. Like, I couldn't even guess. Doesn't all this scare you? It terrifies me.
Do I let her in? Like, how do I verify if she's a real person or not? You should leave.
Okay, I get it. Thanks for hearing me out anyway. Okay. Clearly I should go then. Yeah, bye.
Alright, is anyone else gonna come to my door?
Hello? Anyone alive in there? Mind letting me in?
Don't bang on my door.
Hey now, no hard feelings. Didn't mean to wake you. Ain't been sleeping a wink myself. Used to be a gravedigger, you know. Not that there's much point in it now. Graves don't mean nothing no more. People just keel over and rot wherever they fall.
So, did you see something out there?
Sure did. I was digging a grave. One some fella ordered. He was standing there watching me work. I was digging and digging and then bam! The shovel hit something. I thought it was a rock, but no. A hand reached up out of the soil. It was a visitor, crawling up out the ground. And that guy, he just laughed. I ran like hell and didn't look back. Didn't dare go home. Figured it's safer in a crowd.
Do I let him in? I don't know who to let in and who not to let in right now. Like, how can I tell if he's safe? I don't know. You're hiding your arm, and your arm is, like, a little scary. Okay, come in.
Thanks. Just be quick with that door, alright? I'm terrified those visitors might be right behind me.
Yeah, you're not gonna kill me now, right? Looks like no one else is coming tonight. Oh, thank God. So, that guy's in my house now. I let him in. If he's a visitor, I'm cooked. I've never played this before. I don't know how to tell. Oh, God. All right, I'm going to bed. You better not be in my bed. I ain't trying to get cuddly with you, dude.
Good afternoon. Here's the news. The sun's activity rises steadily as crime levels also reach a new high. According to recent data, the number of murders over the last few nights has surpassed average figures. Experts suspect this is related to society's ever-growing anxiety surrounding the visitors. And now, over to, just a moment, our studio has just received an urgent transmission regarding contact with a phenomenon we're calling the visitors. Eyewitness accounts describe them as creatures that can imitate the appearance and behavior of humans. Avoid contact at all costs. In one case, a visitor was able to be identified with one telltale sign: perfect white teeth.
Nah, don't tell me that's the guy I just let in, bro. Oh, God.
Our early reports seem to back this up. Sources say they encountered an unhoused person with perfect white teeth who later turned out to be a visitor. That's all for now. Stay calm and don't leave the house during the day.
Oh, God. Wait, so the guy I let in, was that the guy on the news? Oh, God, where is he? In the kitchen? Wait, what? Should I grab a beer? Nope. Okay. Where are you, bro?
Wish them visitors would just go back underground.
I need to test you.
Fine. Go on, check. I'm wide open. Turned inside out long ago.
Let me check your teeth, buddy.
When you dig too deep, sometimes you don't just find bones.
Okay, he doesn't have perfect white teeth.
These white ones are mine. Fair and square. Those shiny ones, well, let's just say I found them. Would have been wasted down there anyway, but look, ta-da, they came in handy.
Wait, leave alone or pull out the gun? Okay, I'll leave him alone. I think he's safe. Should I try and fiddle with the radio now? I feel like I should definitely try this again. Am I gonna see any sort of sentence? I'm not really seeing anything I can recognize. What about this side? Oh, I just saw the word die. Did y'all see that? Wait, am I tripping? Yo, I'm not seeing any words. Oh, what just happened? Oh, do I only have a limited amount of time to get the message out? Oh, no, I do. Dude, this has got to be impossible. I'm not seeing any sort of message. All right, I'm putting this thing down for now. I can't deal with it. Why did the lights just flicker? Hello? You're not in any random room, right? Where's that dude? You still in there? Okay, you're still in there. I'm gonna leave you alone. I only have one energy bar to use, so I probably shouldn't test him anymore. I guess I should just go back to sleep, right? Or I could call my neighbor. 258-220. Hello?
Hey, neighbor. Good to hear from you. So, you let a couple people in yet? If not, then you should really start thinking about it. Got any questions?
How many signs does it take to tell if someone's a visitor?
If only I knew. Nobody really knows how many signs it takes to be sure. I'd say it's probably best not to jump to conclusions, though. Maybe they just went to the dentist before everything went to heck.
How'd you sort out the issue with food?
I got lucky. Stocked up ahead of time. If I remember right, you did too. But if you want something special, there's that food delivery service for rest. Don't know their number, but you'll catch it on the TV or the radio ads. Got any questions?
Nope, that's it. Thanks, bro.
Take care.
All right, bye-bye. Bye-bye now. Love you. Sorry. That's not what I meant. Okay, so I guess I'll just go to bed again so I can let in more people. Maybe they'll bring me some good stuff, but I don't know. The more people I let in, the more chance that I'm gonna literally get killed. So I don't know. Oh god, I'm full of energy. How do I waste my energy? Because I don't want to drink all of my beers right now. Should I just test them again? All right, let me check your teeth. Yep, your teeth are good. All right, thanks, bro. Okay, I used up all my energy, so can I go to bed? You want to let me sleep? Oh, see? That's the strategy. We don't have to drink a beer to go to bed. We could just keep testing over and over. Oh, someone's at my door. Hello? What was that sound? I have no idea if that means he's a doppelganger or not, or a visitor. I don't know if I want to know. Hey, hello, I guess if that's better. Is this, like, your place? I mean, your house, sir? Yeah, it's mine. So, can I come in then? Or are you just gonna leave me out here? I couldn't find a basement or any other decent hiding spot, so here I am. What are you doing hiding out in basement? What? No, where are your parents? Hell if I know. Home, probably. Where else would they be? Or maybe they're visitors now. Would kind of suit them. Huh. My mom loves sunbathing, too. So yeah, that's another fun possibility. Whatever, I'm here, aren't I? And I could use a roof over my head. You're really gonna leave a kid out here under the burning sun with visitors around? Yeah, I would leave a little kid like you out, but I don't know. I'm just gonna go off of their features. Like that tall man, obviously I'm not gonna let him in because he has an obvious feature, but like she has no features of herself that make her look like a doppelganger. So I'm gonna let her in. No way. Whoa. You even got carpet? Sweet. But whatever. Oh god, is anyone else gonna come in my door? Alright.
Oh nah, Among Us.
Bro, this guy has a weird body shape and he got a line around his neck. You got a fake head on, bruh. What is... No.
You holding up okay in there, bro?
What's been going on exactly?
I'm here to offer you new possibilities, bro. Respect the vision.
Alright, what's your offer?
Dying ain't part of the plan, bro. You gotta hustle while you have the opportunity. Time to rise and grind, you feel me?
You should leave.
Oh, I see. You're a moron. I didn't realize that at first. My bad. I'll just go see if your neighbor is more receptive to my genius.
Oh my god, no. You are not a mom. And you are not a kid. Y'all look like aliens. I'm sorry. Is that that's messed up. I shouldn't have said that, but like, bro, they don't look like their face matches their body, okay? That's all I'm saying. Hello, could you please help us? What do you want from me? I want you to let me in so I can get some sleep. I'm dead on my feet. I used to have 5 kids. This here's the last one. I don't know where to even start looking for them. I just want to get some decent shut-eye. Are your kids dead? Where did they go? I don't know. Maybe their father took them. I want to go to his house, but I just don't have the strength anymore. Sure, we fought a lot, but it's hard not to when you live with someone who... Okay, forget him. Look, the most important thing to me now is finding my kids. No. Fine then. I'll just try to get to my mom's house. Yeah, good luck. I'm sorry. I might not make it. No, I have to. Oh, God. I feel bad. What if she was a human? Oh, I just left a mother and a son out. Is anybody else coming? Nope. Is that it? No one else coming to my door? Okay. Well, I guess we're going to check on that little girl and that guy in the morning. Oh, gosh. I don't like this. Don't jump at me. Don't jump at me. Hey.
Good afternoon. Here's the news. The anomalous heat is continuing to rise, and the invasion of the visitors has shown no sign of slowing. As such, the government has founded a new organization to address the emerging situation. The Federal Emergency Management Agency, abbreviated as FEMA. FEMA employees can be identified by their yellow hazmat suits and gas masks. Merely days since their founding, the agency has already discovered a new way to identify visitors: dirt under their fingernails. Specialists say that this sign helps identify visitors who have crawled out from under the ground. That's all for now. Stay calm and don't leave the house during during the day. Next up, a crisis report regarding a pale maniac. But first, some ads.
Okay, so dirt under the friggin' nails. Should I test both of the people that are in my house? Where's the little girl at? Not in the hall. Okay, radio's tweaking right now. What's up? Should I test him? What did you do when you found the empty grave? I sat down right on the edge, looked in, nothing. Okay, I'm not gonna test you just yet. I'm gonna test the girl first, wherever she is. Ugh, I'm sick of all this. I need to check you. Fine, just hurry up and get it over with, old man. Let's check the hands first. Here. Open up the fingers. Wait. Okay, I'm gonna leave you alone, but hold on. I need to check you again. Teeth. Let me see your teeth. Braces? Wait, she got perfect white teeth. I don't know. I don't know. The signs ain't looking too good. Are they perfect, though? Like, I don't know. Like, should I do it? I think I have to. I think I gotta do it. You know what? Screw it. Shoot me. I'm so done with all this crap. Come on, do it. Pull the trigger. What's wrong? Are you chicken? Hear them out. Next time, just pull the trigger. I'm not gonna beg for my life. I don't give a crap. I'm so done. Well, I just used all my energy trying to look at your teeth and your nails. And I didn't get any good info. You have perfect white teeth, and I could not see the underneath of your nails, okay? I don't know if I trust this little girl, bro. But I couldn't shoot her. I need to check myself. How do I check myself? What? What are you talking about? Okay, I have no idea. Well, since I got no energy, I guess I can't do anything else. So, I wish I could have checked the dirt under his fingernails, though. Should I try the radio again? I have no idea how to use this thing, bro. I'm sorry. I think I'm gonna just go to bed. I have no energy left anyways. Do I even want to let in any new people? Like, they're already at my door. Okay. Thanks, bro. What about you? Wait, where's the little girl? She's crying. Why are you crying? Are you okay? Okay, stop knocking on my door. God, who are you? What do you want? Oh,
Howdy.
I'm not letting you in.
Is your door nice and sturdy? You never know what might happen to it. You understand?
I've got a gun.
Delicious. Despair gives courage to the crowd, yes. So, you alone?
Oh, he's got perfect white teeth and everything. No, I'm not alone.
It's your lucky day. I can hear someone whispering inside, but who knows where they'll be in a few days.
Okay, bro. Really, Martin? Oh, no. What do y'all want? Do you have room for us? No. No. Are you both sick or just one of you? We all suffer from depression to some degree. We knew where things were headed before all of this trouble with the sun. Have you been following the news? I don't think the sun's actually gonna explode. The sun's gonna explode? Aren't you tired of carrying her around? Please mind what you say. It can be draining, but I could never abandon her if that's what you mean. So this one is just like attached to her? We both left our parents' house together. Why did you leave your parents' house? No, you should leave. I get it. You don't know us. You might think we'll just cause trouble, but I promise we won't. My younger sister, she's just having a really hard time, but we've got a, what's it called again? Coffee. Here, take it. It might come in handy. Oh, she's got coffee, and I do need some more energy. Fine, come in. Only because you offered me something, okay? Only because you offered me something. So we meet again? I remember the things were a bit different last time we crossed paths, yet we remain alive. It's a strange thing. I don't know how to explain it. I'd like to start our conversation with a divination. Tell my fortune by choosing a page in this book. Where should I open to? Open it at the end. It was so long ago, perhaps it was a dream. Maybe you, I, and the fish only exist in the memory of a person who is long gone. Maybe no one really exists and it's only raining outside. Feels like things might truly fade away so very, very soon. What do you think? Do we inhabit the dream of another? I have no idea. Do you really believe that? Not entirely. I'd read it more as a form of advice, lest you forget a dead undone, or perhaps a call to attention. While I was considering its deeper meaning, a message flashed into my head. When the cat's eyes meet yours, be sure, so show them inside. I can't say why just yet, but that should make things easier for you. For now, I'm just gonna have a nice long ponder about the selection you chose from the book. Alright, thanks for that, bro. Anyone else? Nope. Alright, cool. Well, I let in 2 ladies, and then I still have a little girl in here somewhere, and that man. So, one of them's probably gonna kill me tonight, but who cares? Let's go to bed, okay? Okay, yep. I'm so dead. Oh my god. Oh, I have 3 energy bars now, though.
Good afternoon. Here's the news. FEMA has taken new measures to address the ongoing visitor invasion. As of now, they have organized the quarantine zones to detain potentially dangerous suspects. FEMA has also identified a new visitor sign after experimenting with those detained. Blood red eyes. According to reports, FEMA discovered this sign after observing detained visitors.
Are any of these guys in my house right now? I feel like this guy right here on the right is in my house. Is he not? The guy with the slick back hair and like the point. Okay, he has a pointy beard. I'm gonna remember that.
Noting the creatures have increased photosensitivity, causing their eyes to become inflamed and red. That's all for now. Stay calm, and don't leave the house during the day. Next up, a report on FEMA. But a word from our sponsors.
All right, so I'm checking them for blood red eyes. First, it's gotta be this guy that's in my office. Yo. Excuse me, dude. I need to test you. All right, let's check your eyes this time. Nights are my shift. Are they blood red? I mean, to be honest, no. I don't think they're blood red. Daytime folks see the sun, but all I see is the lamp on my head and shadows of my grave. All right, I'm gonna leave you alone. Let me go check the little girl, I guess. I need to check you real quick. All right, eyes. Let's see this. Let's see. So that's a blood red eye, right? Is it not? I thought it meant like the whites of your eyes. Oh, I'm pulling out the gun. I'm sorry. I always thought I'd be the one to end it myself. Yo, this game is messed up, bro. This is so messed up. I just killed her. Oh my god. I don't like. I'm praying she actually was a doppelganger because that. Come on, bro. Can't be putting little kids in this game, man. Why you do that? Where are those ladies? Ladies. Where are you? Wait, what? Where are they? They better not be in my bedroom. Where are the ladies at that I let in? Hello? Ladies? Ladies? Oh my god. Are y'all in my fridge? Ew. Y'all better not be stealing these beers. I got a coffee. Oh, I don't know where they are. Am I cooked? Are they in my bedroom, bro? Y'all better not be in my bedroom. Oh, nah. Where y'all at? Huh? Oh, God. Oh, God. Once upon a time, 2 brothers lived near a dam. The daily splashing of water made the river foam. Wait, is this just an ad? Yeah, this is just an ad for beer. Now available through Forest Food Delivery. Wait, I can get food. Okay. 249259. FEMA. And why was it formed? Oh, they're helping to address the many problems. It's not known for sure what exactly the agency is working on, but we can say confidence. Okay, okay. This is cool. 249259, was that what it was? Should I call them real quick? Let me try and give them a call. I want some food delivered. Oh, here we go. 249259. Hello? I want food.
Hello, you have reached Forest Food Delivery. Would you like to place an order?
Yeah, I'd like, 1 can of coffee.
Thank you. Your order has been accepted. Please accept your delivery tomorrow night.
Oh, gosh, wait, I just realized I'm gonna get a delivery at night. Oh, gosh, so I have to make sure that the person delivering my coffee isn't a doppelganger? Brother. Or a visitor, I guess. Okay, I'm gonna just test you one more time, buddy. Hold on. Let me see your hands. How do I see the dirt under the fingernails? Kind of hard to tell. All right, I'm gonna leave you alone, buddy. I'll see you later. Let's go back to bed. I don't know where the women are. Like, I might be dead here because they are gonna kill me. Are they visitors? Oh, God. 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 Is it gonna be my delivery of coffee or what? I got a can of coffee I'm waiting on. Hello?
Good evening. I'm from FEMA. We're making house calls around your neighborhood, checking in with the residents.
Why should I trust you?
I can show you my credentials if it'll put you at ease. Anyways, visitors rarely move in groups. Maybe even never.
How are you gonna help us?
Our first order of business is collecting more data to send to FEMA HQ. Once we do, they'll be able to develop a suitable response procedure. Right now, you just need to stay calm.
So what happens next?
I'll take 1 person. We'll run these tests to make sure they're okay and determine if it's safe for them to continue living in the area. And then we'll verify that they're human too, of course.
So, should I just wait here?
Yes. Once we have more information, we'll provide instructions to all citizens. You have no reason to worry at the moment. We'll just take 1 person and try to get them back to you as soon as possible. Take care.
No, don't take him though. I like him. I like that one. Aw, what the Martin? He was helping me, bro. Now I'm alone because those women aren't here anymore. Hi, for rest delivery here. Okay. Let's accept it. Give me my coffee. Thank you. Have a good day. Oh, I mean night. Still not used to that. Yeah, thanks, bro. I don't know why you're doing deliveries at night. I feel like I would be terrified. I would go out during the day. Oh, you again? Hi. Let me in. What happened? My dad? They killed my daddy? Who did it? Visitors came to the house. They were sitting with us. Daddy was talking to them about something, and then they killed him. Now our house is on fire. Oh, God. I hate this. Fine, come in, bro. Fine. You'll help me? I'm scared. Yes, I'll help you. Oh, dude. I can't. If I have to pull out the gun.
Hey. Nah, I don't trust this. I do not trust this.
You open or not? Do you know the bald man? Yes, I know. How did you find my house? Sea City lived there. Saw your house, walk over here. Not hot here. You remind me of someone. Do I? Sure. So what now? You tell me more or what? Strange thing to say. Prove that you're a person. 2 armed, 2 leg, 1 head. Not enough for you? Did I pass test? You open or no? Should I let her in and then kill her? No, you should leave. Look at Kitty. Think again. I feel like she's got like a Russian accent to her, you know? Here, I'm gonna read this in a Russian accent.
You find Kitty under house. Small gift from me.
All right. Wait, what do you mean you put your... Wait, what? Kitty under my house? No, I don't want a cat. Oh, brother, what? Brother, is this a car, brother? Can I come in and rest a minute? And, where did you come from? I don't remember. Doesn't really matter. I'm so very tired. If I don't get some rest, I might just pass out under your window right there. Is your friend sick? He's my husband. He's dead. Oh my God. Okay. I can't give him a proper burial. There's no point in letting him go now. Yeah, no. Wait, no. No, you should leave. You should definitely leave. I'm sorry. You. What do you mean, you? What kind of a response was that? My brother? Is that it? Is that everyone else? Alright, cool. Well, no one else is coming tonight. Was that always in my wall? I don't know if that was always in my wall. I'm just gonna act like it wasn't, though. Hello? Why am I still hearing stuff in there? Didn't you get taken away, bro? Oh, your neighbor's house, which he just painted white, has burned to a crisp and now... No! It seems like the fire went out only a short while ago. Could someone have burnt it down on purpose? What happened to your neighbor's family? Is anyone still alive? Worried thoughts swirl in your head and you're overcome with a feeling of incomprehension and helplessness. Yeah, I'm glad I took the daughter in. Jeez. Well... Oh, that's a cute little dog. Look at the doggy. Can I check out this window? I forgot, I wasn't checking out here before. This pale, creepy man is standing on the street smiling.
Hey! I don't like you! Get away!
He's holding someone's decapitated head in a helmet. It's the head of a soldier, his face frozen in a terrified grimace. You're not sure what scared him more, the pale visitor or his own impending death. I'm gonna leave now. Yeah, I'm leaving. You are terrifying. Also, why does it look like my house is decaying? Is that just me? Should I check out this window? The entire squad of soldiers that arrived just yesterday is dead. Looks like there was a massacre out there. Bodies are scattered across the whole street. And one of them is missing his head? Oh my goodness, did that pale stranger kill them all? Wait, should I call my neighbor? I can't because it's nighttime. Oh God, what do I do against him? I'm just gonna go to bed. I'm gonna ignore it. I'm gonna act like I didn't even see any man out there.
Good afternoon. You're watching the news. Due to a sharp increase in suspected visitor sightings, FEMA has announced that it's enacting new protection measures. Effective immediately, a full quarantine will be enforced across all major population areas. Travel outside your city or to nearby villages is strictly prohibited. Please stay within your designated area. In addition, FEMA has revealed a new visitor identification procedure, hairless armpits. FEMA reports that visitors have no visible hair in this area, making it a useful identification tool. The agency is asking citizens to bear with the test and comply with escorts to quarantine zones. That's all for now.
Okay, so you're asking me to check underneath the armpits of everyone that's in my house right now. Boy, that is weird. Okay, that guy is most definitely gone. What about in here? Nobody. Okay, radio's still going. Children's Day. What you mean, bruh? Oh, it's the little girl. I want my mommy. I need to test you. I'm so sorry. I think I'm gonna test your armpits, I guess. You look at her and realize this is overkill. You just want to know who I am? I'm really tired. Can I play by myself now? Wait, why am I testing her? I literally saw her house burn down. I guess I'll just check your eyes. Will you see what I'm thinking about? Okay, you a dumb little girl. Come on, no. Okay, you have green eyes. That's fine. I want a drink. I don't care. I already saved you. I'm sorry. Is there anyone else in my house? In here? Dude, I don't know where those two women are. I swear I let them in. Who is that? Is that my wife? Oh, nah. Her hairline high-key cooked. Okay, my fault. Well, I guess I can't do anything else. Well, since I only have that little girl, I don't really need to worry about being killed right now, I think. I'm just gonna test you one more time so I use my energy. Let me see your hands. Your hands are good. Okay, cool. Alright, I'll leave you alone. I'm gonna go to bed now. I used up all my energy. Oh, look at the dog. Yeah. Okay, let's go to sleep. Let's let in some more people tomorrow, because I need some help. I'm not gonna lie. Alright. I hear you. I hear you. I'm coming to the door. Don't worry.
Don't you worry about it, sweetheart. What you gotta say to me?
Good evening.
I'm with FEMA. We're running a routine inspection in your neighborhood. Don't worry, it won't take long.
When will you return the person you took?
Return? Ah, so our team's already been here. After screening, there's a mandatory quarantine period. They'll be staying with us for a while. After that, they'll be sent back from the quarantine zone.
I'm not interested in these tests.
You misunderstand. This is not a choice. One way or another, this is happening. The sooner you cooperate, the sooner it'll all be over.
Nah, he's taking the little girl. Brother.
If you are unable to immediately transfer a suspected visitor to the quarantine zone, issue them a mandatory appearance slip.
Okay, so every night I have to give one person away? Oh, God. Dude, I am not letting you in. What do you think of that guy, the one in the suit? He's just doing his job. Times are rough lately. Just one thing after another, am I right? Maybe the suits will restore order. Okay, why are you talking to me? I don't like you. I can't do anything, bro.
Yes, I know. What can any one person in the face of disaster? Cosmic calamity? Death? Listen, you alone?
I'm not alone.
So you ended up all by your lonesome. Didn't work out with anyone. Shame. I'll just slip in real quick then. I have a little parting gift for you.
What? What? No! No! What did I do? What did I do? I lost all my people. I lost all my people. Okay. Even days later, the house remains empty. Yo, guys. No! Everyone avoids it like a dark omen. More rumors swirl than the number of those who ever called at home. Ah! I could have survived so much longer. I just didn't know how to play at first, okay? I would have let more people in. The house, just like the final traces of its owner, had been lost to time. No relatives ever come to collect what was left behind. The homeowner simply vanished as if they had never existed at all. Everything that belonged to them is lost, worn away, or forgotten. Huh. That is kind of crazy. Wow. Why do people disappear so completely? Dude, this is sad. Once death finds you, the proof you ever existed begins to fade almost immediately. Belongings, creations, thoughts, memories, emotions. All dissolve into the void. There is no more you, only nothingness. That's crazy. So I'm dead, yeah. Ah, bro, this is a gruesome game. That is so messed up. What is this collection right here? Oh, so I've only gotten 1 out of 10? There's 9 more endings to this game? And these are all the people I've collected so far. Okay, if you guys think I should do a part 2 to this and try and get every single ending possible, let me know. Because I will most definitely do it. This game was really fun. Except she is, yeah.
You too, buddy.
Anyways, that was No, I'm Not Human, the full game release. We'll definitely be playing more of this if you guys liked it. But if not,
then I'm gonna be sad.
Either way, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe on your way out. And click another video here if you want to watch it. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace. Today, I hunted my friends as Bigfoot. All 4 of them were survivors out in the woods. And their goal is to scavenge for items to try to kill me. My goal is to hide in the trees and attack them whenever they're outside. Let's see if I can kill all of them. I have a thirst for blood that only 4 humans can satisfy.
Oh, no.
Because I'm a giant Bigfoot. You guys get it? Okay, nobody responded.
Uh-oh.
I do get it, but here's the thing.
There's a wolf attacking me. Hold on. We'll continue this in a second.
Yo, I hear noise out there.
I'm about to eat this wolf.
We have tricks up our sleeve, and we will demolish you.
And we'll see about that. I just ate a wolf for breakfast. I'm about to have you guys for dinner.
Should we be afraid?
Zoe, we should be afraid.
We should be? Oh, gosh.
Why aren't you guys at the tents? This is where I thought you guys would camp out.
I don't know.
Okay, fine. I'll find you guys wherever you're at. You're probably at an RV, aren't you? Am I predicting y'all?
Boot ganged all the weapons. Nobody's getting nothing.
No, I saw everything too, Shade.
Dude, really?
Why'd you not give me a weapon?
I'm hoping they're all in a group right now.
Yeah, me and Shady just stole everything.
If I can get them all in a group, I could probably just kill all of them at once.
Yo, how do you see?
Bruh.
I need a flashlight. We need to set traps on him.
What if I go completely silent so y'all can't hear me sneaking up?
If you click Q, you get access to all your items. So I'm gonna place this drone down real quick, and let's work on this.
I'm gonna set a trap right there.
I'm gonna test my howl out. Y'all hear that?
Guys, did you hear that?
I think he's nearby!
Oh.
Guys, I think he's in that direction.
There's a red splotch on my screen. Maybe I should follow it.
I'm kind of scared.
Nope, he's that way. I'm going this way.
Somebody could be in there.
I don't like the noises!
Okay, you know, I'm gonna be in here, and I'm gonna use the drone real quick.
Oh, what's this? I see a couple houses.
Ooh, a drone.
Hello.
What was that, bro?
Are one of y'all here? Huh?
No.
Where are you at?
Don't worry about it, bro.
I can sprint, you know. I'm fast as Bigfoot. I'm running down the road. If y'all see me on a camera, then it wasn't me.
I'm hiding.
We haven't even put the cameras down yet.
All right, guys, I'm in the drone now.
Oh.
Oh, I see it.
What's this?
I am going to try and, I don't know how to make it brighter. How do I make the drone brighter?
What's this? Ugh! Who is this?
Activate night vision.
Who is this standing still?
Dude, I'm changing my settings! Stop it!
Yo, what's going on?
Look at her running away so frantically.
No.
Where's she running off to? Hey, Mia, I don't know if you realize, but you're just leading me back to your team right now.
Guys, I'm coming back and he's behind me.
Wait, where?
What?
That's why I spared you.
No!
I want to find the rest, too.
Bryce.
I don't know which way to go. Why is it so dark?
Mia, I know you just tried to throw me off by turning the wrong way.
I don't...
I know they're this way, aren't they?
No, they're not, dude! I'm messing with my settings! Let me mess with them!
Hello, guys.
I'm scared.
Oh, wait.
All right, Mia, I'm coming. I'm gonna save you.
I'm seeing something.
Where are they on the map?
What is that?
Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna chill with the group.
Whoa, there's multiple lights, actually.
Nico, I don't know what to do. I'm scared.
I'm gonna place some cameras.
Oh.
Wait, Mia's all the way over there?
Oh my gosh.
Wait, guys.
I shot him.
Today's not the day, please. Ow.
You're down. You next. Yeah.
Die, Bigfoot, die.
Ow.
Take this.
Yeah.
Oh, he's charging in a... Whoa, he's beating me. Ah,
Yeah.
What did it do? What did it do?
he's beating me.
Okay, fine.
Nico, where did we go?
Guess I'll place one of these down.
Don't worry about it.
Ooh, meat.
Uh,
I love it.
ouch! Ow!
Boy, pick it up.
I'm trying to place a trap down. You hurt me.
Take that, you big beast.
Oh, this is how I place the traps.
Yo, try and pick this up, Zoe.
Okay, Martin.
Like that?
Ouch. Okay.
Got him.
I can't get him.
Shot him.
Yo, guys, I've tried to place a GPS sensor on him and it didn't work. I missed.
Ward.
Back into the bushes I go. Nico got revived. I should have finished him off while I had the chance. Shady got a good amount of damage in.
Okay.
Guys, I'm in a trap. Ow.
Oh.
Nico!
Somebody got caught in my trap.
Well, that's time for me to go in.
What was that?
Hello.
Guys,
Is he coming?
he's coming.
Hello, Martin.
He's in the tree line.
Boom.
What's up, Zoe?
Oh, nah. What is going on?
Yeah. Nobody's getting out alive this time.
Get over here.
Especially you, Zoe.
Let him get up.
Am I dead? I can't tell if I'm dead or not.
You are not getting revived.
No, Zoe, you're good.
You too.
What's going on?
Yeah.
Oh, it is way too dark.
Get in the truck.
Oh, yeah. Nico's down. What's up?
Let me just shut the window.
Guys,
Oh!
yo, Shady, help me, bro.
Let me up.
Bro, I can't.
I'm camping him.
Dude.
I can't, bro.
You're gonna have to get Mia to come back.
I'm looking for weapons in the woods.
Oh!
How are you still alive? I was trying to get you in there.
You dumb Bigfoot.
I'm not dumb. You're dumb. You come out of that RV. Stop trying to steal Nico. He's not coming in.
Yeah, shank you.
Ow! Ouch!
Shank you, bloody.
Wait until I howl at you.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, yeah. Nico and Zoe gonna die out here. You're not gonna save them?
Please help me.
I want to say hi.
I don't think I could save them, bro.
I want to say hi. Okay, how about this? I'll stand out here and I'll let you grab one.
Okay.
Or maybe I'll run at you, though.
Get Nico, not me. Get Nico.
Okay.
I'm gonna run at you.
Okay, wait, I can't. Dude, they're dead. I can't even pick them up.
Oh, perfect.
Oh, I should probably come back, shouldn't I?
Did you just stab her?
You stabbed me!
Yeah, Mia, 2 of your teammates are down and the 3rd one's about to be taken too.
Whoa.
Oh,
I'm coming.
he actually got out.
I'm just sitting here.
No, Nico, sorry, dude.
Please, guys, please.
Unless Shady has a med kit, you're doomed.
Oh, I use the med kits, that's why.
Where's Mia? I need her
her to come back.
Shady, use all the med kits.
Dude, I didn't know it worked like that.
Zoe was sent to heaven.
I'm about to die too.
Ooh.
Let's see if Shady can actually clutch up and revive Nico in time. I doubt it, though. Yeah, and he's dead. Now, where's Mia?
Bro.
Shady's gonna hide in the truck. I'm just gonna go out and look.
Shady, I found a town.
What?
I think.
You found a town. Okay. I'm trying to get you. Okay. You Sigma?
Hopefully there's something up here, right? There's a flag.
You Sigma?
Where are you at?
Radio tower.
Hello?
Ow.
Oh, I know I do a lot of damage.
Dude, how do I throw this thing?
What is this?
Oh gosh, Mia's looting up right now. I can't waste too much time out here. Oh my goodness, how do I do this?
Oh my gosh.
He's in the RV. Can I break it?
Now it throws.
Wait, what just got? I can't see. Ow, my eyes.
Is that a flare?
What is that?
My eyes. I can't see. It's so bright over here.
Okay.
Oh!
Oh.
Where's the weapon? Where's the weapon? Where's the weapon?
How do I get him in the RV? I'm going on top.
What?
What?
You're on the roof?
Nothing. Hello?
Hi.
Oh. You know I'm gonna find a way to you.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. Oh, miss me.
Oh!
Did I peek at you through the wall?
Yeah, a little bit.
Shady's dying and I need a weapon. All I need is a weapon.
Maybe I should go for Mia because she's gonna get all the loot while Shady's baiting me right now.
Good job.
He could be wasting my time on purpose.
Good job, Mia.
Okay, where's Mia at?
I'm-
Ow! Did I just get caught in a trap?
Yeah, step in a trap.
My map was open. Ow, my map.
Oh, he's running at me. Take that.
Okay, no more traps.
Let's go over here.
Take that, buddy.
I don't like those.
Take that, buddy.
I have to hide.
Yeah, buddy, you like that?
Where's Mia at? I'm gonna find her. She gonna die. I know she can't hide in an RV. She got no safe point.
No.
Mia, where are you at?
Nowhere. Mind your business.
Do you happen to be wandering in a skibbity forest?
No.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna find her one way or another.
Shady, I believe in you. You can clutch yourself for the gang. I'm watching you, spectator, right now.
Okay.
It's okay, Shady. I left, so you can actually leave the RV.
Yo, he is capping, bruh.
Dude, I'm mad, bro. The GPS tracker was not throwing.
Oh, Native American settlement. Mia, maybe that's where you are, huh?
Yeah, maybe that's where I'm at.
Are you?
Yeah.
Why does it sound like I was just near you? Mia, you have some fear in your voice.
No, I'm good.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm chilling.
Open up. Open up.
Where are you right now, Cash?
Open your door. Ew, that's a stinky looking chair. Nasty.
It's not even near me.
Mia, really?
What?
I'm not near you?
Not at all, actually.
Bro, there was a first aid kit in there.
Shady, I'm coming. I'm literally almost there.
Wait, no. Don't tell me she's gonna get back to the RV.
Shady, I'm here.
No.
Okay, good.
No.
Okay, where are you? There you are. I see you.
Get me to that RV.
Bro,
Get me over there.
I'm at a sprint.
we gotta turn off our lights, bro. I wonder, can he even see us?
Maybe I can.
I think you can see us with our lights on.
Maybe I cannot.
Okay.
What is that sound I'm hearing?
I have just my knife right now.
Here, I'll give you a pistol.
Hello, guys.
Oh, he's here.
Whoa, back off me.
Okay, where is he?
Hey, you're supposed to go to bed.
No more RV.
You're supposed to go to bed, dude.
No, I'm not.
Where's my ammo? I have one bullet. No.
How are you alive?
How do I get my knife out?
Ow.
You next, Mia. Yeah.
Yeah.
That knife's not gonna do anything to me.
Yo, get in the truck.
Ah!
Yeah! Go!
Mia, you're not getting back to that RV. You are not getting inside there. Oh, she got inside.
I made him in!
Ah!
Oh my gosh.
How'd she do that? They both got in. You lucky, you know that. I'm going back to hide. It's daytime and I don't like the sun. Ouch.
Hey, you like that?
I don't like it.
That's what I thought.
I gotta find another way to get them. Maybe I should use more of my abilities.
Here, take this. Boom.
Oh, let's go.
Maybe I can stalk them.
There you go.
Whenever they leave the truck, I'll go for them.
I don't see him.
They've done a good amount of damage to me. If I stay too long around the truck, then they'll do a lot more.
Where they at, though?
I'm just gonna camp around them for now.
We need to find another place because we're out of stuff here.
Wait, they're going to another place?
We need to get out.
Okay.
Oh, I see him!
No, you don't. I'm leaving.
He's in the bushes over here.
Oh, God.
They're probably gonna go over here.
Oh, God.
Can I camp in the water? Wait, I think this is obvious. Never mind. I'm not gonna do that. I'll go up here. Somebody watching me? Better not be.
Do we need a med kit or something? I have one.
Yeah, you could use it on yourself if you want.
I'm claiming this house.
Oh my goodness gracious, I need to.
I'm not gonna lie, Mia. I'm long gone. I just didn't say anything.
What?
No, I watched you leave, bro. Come back!
Mia's alone?
No, you needed to get out while you can. I thought you were gonna get the hint to follow me.
Okay, I'm coming.
Oh.
Oh, you are trying to deceive me, aren't you?
Bro, there's a... Ew, what is this?
You know I don't have to hibernate in the daytime. It's just harder to see you guys because you don't have flashlights anymore.
Oh, I got a good idea.
Oh, I think I was close to there. I'm coming.
All right.
The nighttime is way better to hunt.
No, this tower where I'm at, Mia, It's good. It's goaded.
Let's hide out in here. Open up. Ew, it smells in here. There's flies and stuff. Gross. Wait a second. If they're outside the RV right now, I can just go camp it so they can't come back in. They didn't seem to come to this village, so I'm pretty sure they went elsewhere. They're dodging me on purpose.
I'm coming, Shady.
All right. Ooh.
Hey, if you guys want to come back to your RV, I'm totally not camping behind it right now.
Now we good.
Yeah, like I believe that. I'm good, bro.
All right, fine. Then have it your way. I'm gonna trap this entire thing.
We need to get a respawn anchor so we can revive them.
Wait,
Okay,
there's no way you can respawn them.
doable.
Revive me.
Jed, revive me. Okay, I like the spot I'm in right now.
Ooh, this place is gross.
Unless they're watching me through cameras.
Nasty.
Okay, y'all need to find a shrine.
Okay, that's doable. We could do that during the daytime.
Or actually, a totem.
Yeah, just one totem.
Okay,
Wait, and that's how you can revive people? I can't let them revive Nico.
we should keep exploring.
Oh, I see something.
I need to find that totem before them.
Is he here?
Hey, where did that shot just come from?
Guys, be careful.
Who's shooting at me? Where you at?
Oh, gosh. Here, Mia, where you at?
I'm inside the base.
Not seeing them.
Take. I thought I got more ammo. Guess not.
You gave me some. I have 15.
No, I thought I had. Wait, hang on. Maybe I do. Maybe just scroll down. Oh, there we go.
Hold on, what is this?
Oh, goat. Goat.
Am I seeing something that I was not aware of? Oh, this must be where they went.
Oh, gosh.
Is he coming?
Oh, is this a little skibbity base? A new base that y'all found?
No.
Oh, really?
It sounds like he's coming up, bro.
Are we running?
Hello? Is anybody here?
Yo!
Where is he?
Oh, I see him, bro. I see him.
Is he up there?
Oh yeah, I'm hungry.
I just jumped off. What the yo?
I'm hungry.
Excuse me, Martin. Yo, come back upstairs.
You go down.
Where's the other one? He's going upstairs?
I can't.
I'm gonna meet him there.
Mia, go up the stairs and hit the zip line.
Hello?
Oh my gosh.
Go fast.
Okay.
Wait, where's she running off to?
He's camping! He's camping!
Oh, no.
Yo, Shady, get out of there, bro.
Oh, is Mia down?
Just hit the zip line. He can't get you.
No. I'm on 10. Help. I can't get up.
Oh, no.
Shady, it's about to be just you left, dude.
Dude.
I can't get up.
Where's he at? Wait a second.
Alright, you find the totem along the path, Shady. So keep going along paths.
Can I go up here? Oh, I can't use the zip line.
I found one.
Oh, buns.
Nice. Okay, now you have to take that to the shrine.
Yo, Shady, Mia's dying, by the way. You're not gonna save her?
And where is that at?
The zip line?
I don't even have a med kit.
Oh.
It can be found in the Redwood Park.
Alright, I just gotta hope that Mia bleeds out.
This is where I die.
Yes.
Yes, die. You die.
You're terrible.
Look at me.
I swinging at you.
Shady, the shrine is in the Redwood Park.
I don't even know where that is.
Nobody's coming to save you.
Now, where did Shady go?
It's around the middle of the map.
Shrine in the middle of the map. Okay.
Yo.
Got it.
Dude, a tree just fell on Shady.
What?
That's it, bro. I'm dead.
Ain't no way.
A tree fell on me.
Wait, stop. Are you serious?
Yeah, that's it, bro.
There's no way.
Please tell me I get the win.
Wait, no way.
So I'm just walking and a tree just falls on me, bro. That's just my luck? That's how I die? Really?
So I'm walking. Oh gosh, ouch. I just took fall damage. I'm fine.
Bro.
No way.
That's literally it, bro. We're dead.
Mia just bled out.
I'm about to be torn asunder.
And wait a second. I win!
No.
That was tasty.
All right, Nico, let's see if you can kill all of us this time.
I am now the Bigfoot.
I'm gonna go in here first.
Yeah, I'm taking all the guns, bro. Give me that.
No, dude, please.
Yo, let me get some weapons too.
Let me get a weapon.
Wait, hang on, where they at? Oh, there. Okay, there we go. Got the med kits.
I see why you like this, Cash.
Got the med kits.
Okay, I got a pistol.
I left a pistol. Someone can have that.
Where's the ammo for it?
Where are you guys?
It's like the small ammo. It's like the 5.56. I'll give you all the ones that I find.
Okay.
Guys, what am I supposed to do with just a knife?
Die.
Okay, I got ammo. Thank you, Shady.
Yes, sir.
Now, where is Nico at?
I have a plan.
He camping around the RV? What's your plan?
I don't know, guys. Where am I?
Dude, I think I already hear him.
Oh, nah.
He's here. I just don't know where.
Where?
If you could stick that onto him, Mia, that would be so clutch.
Yeah, I'm gonna try.
What was that noise?
Is he around us?
Y'all trying to stick a GPS sensor on me or something?
Yeah.
Oh, smart.
Y'all ain't never gonna stick that thing on me.
Mia, do you know how to throw it?
Yeah.
Because I know how to throw it now. Okay.
Holding right click then left.
Yeah. Bro, I kind of want to go on a run, bro. Kind of want to, like, go now.
They're definitely not on the outskirts.
Me too. But if we don't have the RV as a safe spot, we're doomed.
Okay, here, Zoe.
We definitely need that.
Zoe, I'm going to give you the med kits.
How do I use them?
Actually, I'm gonna give you one. You can heal us when we die. So just
Wait, what button though?
it'll be H.
Okay.
Why am I hearing heavy footsteps?
I hear heavy footsteps in the truck. He's here.
What do you mean?
He's here.
Where is he at?
I don't know where.
Is that a grunt?
That means I'm near you guys somewhere, right?
Maybe.
Yep.
Y'all hear that?
Oh, I did hear that. It was that way.
Heck no, bro. Getting out of here.
Where are you at?
Where's that way, according to me?
I'm getting out of here, guys.
Yeah, it's probably best that we leave.
Split up?
Yeah, leave.
Yeah.
All right, let's leave.
Okay.
Y'all are splitting up? Nah.
Split up.
Split up.
We move, not as one.
Okay, I just don't know how to get to you guys.
Maybe you buns.
I think I am Buns.
Took a photo of you, Zoe.
Oh, did you get my good time?
Oh, yeah, I did.
So that's what that's for.
Is he near you?
Yo, I think one of our friends about to die.
Dude, he just ran right by me and I just hit a zip line and ran.
Hey, no way.
Oh, wait, I probably shouldn't go that way then.
Dude, don't come over here.
All right, I'm going this way.
And stay off the main road.
All right, no main roads.
Okay, which means Shady was headed from that direction. So if I do my calculations,
Calculations?
I should arrive at you guys pretty soon.
Nuh-uh.
Hey, how loud is this?
Oh, that is very loud.
Oh, he's close, yeah. Yeah, he's close.
Yeah, he's close.
Oh my gosh.
Stay in the shadows.
What is that?
I will hunt you down as Bigfoot
A grocery list?
if it's the last thing that I do.
Nothing in there. I'll take that.
Oh, I found another GPS sensor.
I think we're good, honestly.
I think we're good. I think we're good.
You know, I feel like I could just walk outside and go la 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 la.
I mean, maybe we don't do that.
Nah, Zoe could definitely get away with that, not gonna lie.
Plot armor.
I got it! Let's do it! La 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 la.
More ammo.
I've walked around this entire map and I haven't found the van. How did Cash find the van so fast last time?
It's not that hard to find. Are you buns?
Is there a special ability I could use?
Ew.
Oh, that's a bright light. Turn that off.
There's just dookie butt all up in this bathroom.
Zoe, I'm watching you.
Okay, I don't like those sounds. I'm gonna hide.
Guys, I got a drone. I'm coming towards you on the drone.
What kind of sounds are you hearing?
Y'all should turn on the radio so Nico can hear you.
No.
I don't know if I want to do that.
Is it turning day? Finally, I don't have to use my flashlight.
Zoe, I'm a drone. I'm a drone. That was me.
I know I saw you.
Girl.
I'm going towards Shady and Cash.
Okay, nothing in there. Nothing in here. Yo, I got fireworks.
Yeah, I got that last time. Maybe you can like set it off or something.
Fuel canister.
I got some food right there. Well, that tasted good.
Ew.
Nah, bro's eating like that.
I gotta see where you guys are on the map. One sec.
Ooh, I found something good.
Oh, you guys are that.
What you got?
Cash is that way?
Yeah.
I found the entrance of the park.
Oh, dubs.
Let me know when you guys find a maze.
I don't think I will.
No.
Let me know.
I'm pretty sure I just found his cave.
Oh my goodness. What was that?
Who just shot?
Why was that so loud?
Dude.
Oh my gosh, there's a lightning strike right next to me.
That was terrifying.
No, I think it was next to all of us.
That literally scared me so bad, even as Bigfoot.
Oh my god. Why was that louder than anything else in the game, bro?
I literally jumped and you could see my camera move 180 degrees.
Yeah, bro.
You thought I was behind you or something?
Oh my goodness.
I don't even think I can hear anymore, bro.
I thought I was getting attacked.
I'm gonna have to play on mute.
I'm here.
Oh, yo, this clock just, okay. Audio's going down.
I'm here. I'm here.
Okay, Mia, look at all this stuff I'm collecting.
Our goat.
Oh, yeah. Wait,
It's been 10 minutes of me running around the map. I haven't found any of you guys.
all of these cabinets have a bunch of items for us to use. I'm collecting it for y'all.
We played different this time. We had to escape the thing.
Well, Nico hasn't even really found the van.
Oh, no.
What is it?
No. No. He's here. He's here.
He's there? All right, I'm on my way back. Don't worry.
I think I found something.
Hello?
Don't die out there.
I think I found something. I saw someone here, and I know you're being quiet.
Is that him? That's him, right?
I saw someone here.
Where is he?
Where are you? Ada? I know it's Cash.
Wait, wait, are you near me?
I think he found Cash.
Yeah, I know it's you.
You're probably near Shady or something.
Whatever, I'm just gonna...
Oh, that's just a wolf. I'm good.
Is he here?
Get out of here, wolf.
Oh.
Nico definitely heard those gunshots though, so I'm getting out. Whoa, what did I just find? Nico, I'm not gonna lie, I don't think you're near me.
I think I heard something.
Bro, what is he saying?
Where are you guys?
I'm back at the RV.
Da 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 boom.
Zoe, you know I can see your name tag from like 500 feet away.
Oh, really?
Oh, nah. All right, let's see. He's not on camera 1. Not on camera 2. Yeah, he's nowhere near us.
No signal on the drone. What you mean?
It's out of battery.
But I charged it.
Yo, why did Nico get really quiet?
Yo, bro's locking in. He's trying to find it.
Yeah.
Or maybe he's stalking.
I'm gonna watch the cams. I don't know where he is.
Maybe he's watching you guys.
Ah!
Is he nearby?
I have a feeling he's like behind me!
Yo, he's right there. Oh, back up. Hey, yo.
I see him on cams!
Yo, get away.
Ow, what is that?
Shoot him, stab him!
Hey.
Okay, okay.
What is that?
Hey, Skibbity, he's at the RV.
What is that?
Shady, we need help.
That was scary. He was about to kill me.
I'm on the other side of the map.
Oh my god.
Hey, yo, look through the window behind you.
Oh, nah. Ouch. Yo, he just whacked me.
Oh, did you stick the GPS on him?
Not yet.
How do I heal you? How do I heal?
Ow, what is that bright light?
Yeah. It's the fireworks. It's blinding him.
I got him!
Yes.
Ow, I don't like it.
He's GPS'd!
We got a GPS on him.
It's on his head!
Perfect.
On his head.
Good job, good job. Look at him.
All right. Just stay away from the door.
Now we will know where he's at all times.
What's up?
Yo.
What's up?
Oh my gosh, close him!
Oh my goodness. He can open that?
Hey, yo,
What you gonna do now?
give me over.
Ow!
Ouch.
Get over here. You can't just stay there forever, huh?
Yeah, I can. What you gonna do about it?
They technically can.
What you gonna do about it?
Oh my gosh.
Get away. You nasty.
Do you need healing?
You nasty. Yeah, I do need healing. How is he hitting me?
From the top, dude. What's good?
What?
Ah, from the top!
What?
I can't access the drone. That's the problem.
Okay, thank you for the healing, Zoe.
I think I'm out of healing.
I didn't realize you could hit us.
I need healing.
Oh! Oh, Martin.
He's camping.
It's okay.
We're trying to get in there.
Yo, the GPS is in his eye. I cannot see.
Ow, what was that?
Yo, beat him up. Yeah, what's up?
Okay,
Oh.
I'm gonna flare him in the face.
Oh, yeah. Good work.
That did nothing. Run!
Hello, dude.
Run!
Hello, bro.
What does this mean?
Run!
I got trapped!
Oh, no.
Stab!
He gonna eat you, Mia? He gonna eat you.
Let me face.
Stab him!
Stab him, Zoe. Let him get up.
Ow!
Let him get up.
Get over here.
Oh, God. No.
Oh,
Ouch.
help me.
I gotta heal myself. 1 sec.
How's it coming over there, guys?
Yo, Shady. Dude, we're gonna die to him.
Nico, no.
Oh, I'm just strolling right now.
Oh, no. Oh, God. Oh, my God.
Where are you, Shady?
Hold on. Let me go in my inventory.
Shady actually is strolling. I'm dead.
Where are you, Shady?
I am on the other side of the map, bro.
Oh my, he's far.
Uh-oh.
Living my best life.
All right, you know what? I'm leaving these people.
How about you just leave them and come fight a real daddy?
All right, tell me where you are then.
All right, I'm above the green lake on the map. Come find me.
Oh my gosh, you're far.
Wait, hold on. Can I heal you guys?
Help me.
Please.
If one of them has a med kit, they could give it to you.
Zoe, you have a med kit?
No, I'm out of my kit.
Okay.
1 down. 2 down.
Don't worry, guys. I'll get our revenge. But for now, I'm gonna loot y'all's bodies.
I'm watching Shady.
I'm gonna watch Shady too. What is he doing?
Is that like a goated place?
Preparing for my demise.
Cash, you run funny, bro.
Hey, don't make fun of my run. I'm injured.
We need to have a big war.
Yeah, we do.
Now you gotta see the way you run, bro.
Stop making fun of me.
You don't even swing your arms.
Yeah, eat that meat.
Oh.
Eat that meat, boy.
Oh, he's dying.
Shady's destroying him.
I'm lighting him up.
Yes.
Ah!
Why he laughing?
Nah, you can't get up in here, though. That's right. You my son.
Get over here.
Ah!
Oh, no.
You my son.
Run away, you're gonna die.
Ow.
Do you hit another trap?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, perfect. You can't bust in, right?
Oh.
He can bust in.
Get over here. I'm getting in there.
He's ripping through the door.
Oh, God.
He ripped through the door, bro.
What?
Bro, I need a break.
Yo.
This is insane.
I need a break.
Yo, get over here.
About to play dead. Oh, it doesn't even work like that. Hey.
What's going on?
Open it. Open. Bro, he's eating me. He's beating me, bro. He's beating me.
Wait, what?
Oh.
What happened?
I'm dead.
Shady's downed.
You died?
He's in the middle of the lake.
Cash, I need you at the river. He's half health.
Half health.
He's half health.
Night 3.
Is he on your butt?
Is he camping you, Shady? Oh my god. Oh god. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh my god.
I think he's going crazy.
Oh my.
I'm getting beat up in broad daylight. Hey!
Hey, yo, what's good, bro?
It's not even broad daylight.
Take that.
Ah! What was that? My eyes!
If I die, you die too.
Yo, I'm not dead, bro.
Oh, I died on my own.
Stay with me, brother.
I didn't have a gun, so I had to hit it with my bat.
Stay with me, brother.
I cannot stay with you. I'm so sound. I'm on 7 health. There's a big, hairy Bigfoot right in front of me.
Do I win?
I guess so.
It took like 40 minutes for me to find you guys.
Yeah!
What's up, bro?
Get him, Shady!
Well, I don't think that did anything. Oh, God.
Ah, weave. What's up? I gotta heal you, bro.
Oh, yeah, heal me.
Dude, it's not even working. Hello?
Yeah, let me get up.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, thank you. I'm still at 4 health.
Thank you. I love it.
Hey.
Oh, what is happening to me?
Hey, listen, you don't have to do this.
Yeah, I have to do this.
What is going on?
Bro,
Every single time Shady gets up, I just knock him down.
Yo,
I'm dead.
bruh. I'm on 1 health. Please, help me up.
I got you, bro. I got you.
I still need to upload my last YouTube video before I die.
Oh, okay. I'll upload it for you. I'll upload this video for you.
Just schedule it. Oh.
Oh my god.
I died.
This is gonna be a banger.
Boy, Shady died.
Ew.
Let's go!
And he's mangling him in a cave.
What the heck?
Nasty. If you want to watch more videos from us, then click one on your screen right now. And also, don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe!
Bye, guys.
Bye!
Today, me and my friends played the Dark World in Pico Park, which is the hardest world ever to complete. If we're pros, though, we should be able to do it. Let's see how long it takes for us. Okay, when we left off, we started the Dark World, and I think we completed the first 3 levels, which means we're on the last one of the first world.
Oh yeah.
Hello, darkness.
And we all start off with 0 deaths. So let's see what the twist is here. Ooh, dodge that.
There's a spike.
Oh, dodge it.
Oh no, not the spike.
I got it. Don't worry.
Ah! Oh no.
Oh, there's one underneath.
Okay, really? It was hiding.
Okay, just jump over it. Dodge it.
Nice. Okay, jump over that spike. Yeah. Yeah.
Yo, Zoe, chill.
I don't think we can push that just yet.
But it's kind of cool though.
We might have to push something up here.
Yeah, someone needs to just get behind. Oh wait, yeah, someone needs to get up there and just move that.
Ah! There's another one.
Huh.
How are we supposed to know?
What?
Why are they hiding so many of these guys?
Don't know.
Oh.
Weave.
Okay, wait.
Nico almost died.
Okay. Well, now I know that there's a spike underneath that one. Let me jump over it. There we go. Okay.
Oh.
Bro! We're gonna have so many deaths.
Yeah.
Yo, what's going on, gang?
All right, let's go.
I wanted to see if I could do it.
All right, let me over that thing. Let me over.
Yo.
Oh, I got close to it. Okay, everyone get up.
Get up.
I don't know if everyone can get up, because the person down here.
Wait, you can jump it.
No one can. Maybe try it. I don't think he can nudge it at all, actually.
Wait, we have 5 people right here.
Yeah, but 5 people can't get up it.
Oh.
I think we gotta nudge this first block a little bit.
No, Nico, I got you here. Use my head.
Are you sure that's a good idea?
I don't know if we could do that.
Ready, he's gonna do the jump. Oh no.
How did Zoe do it?
No, she didn't.
I think I bounced on Nico's head.
She bounced on my head. So we need to nudge this one a little bit. Okay, ready? Just push onto me. Oh, wait. You can push it like this. It's like the bottom person doesn't have to be connected.
True.
And then Cash push. Oh, wait. Minor. Don't move.
Now we need Zoe and Mia.
Yeah, I told him to stay still.
What are we doing?
You just stack behind us and then push toward me, whoever's on top.
Are you sure?
All right, now Mia, don't push, and the rest of them go.
Boom. Okay, now we can make the jump. Oh, be careful. Do not land on the spike.
Uh-oh, Martin.
Okay.
Here. There we go.
And now we do the same thing with this.
Well, that's what I was going to say. We could have just pushed this automatically.
I guess we push it this way.
I'm up here.
Yeah, let's just do that.
Wait, no, be careful. There could be a spike under that thing.
Let's try it.
All right, let's go. Yeah.
Who's not pushing?
Who's not pushing? Minor.
Oh.
Okay. Oh, there is a spike.
Oh.
Nah.
Oh.
You just gotta move it just the right amount. Okay.
Really, bruh?
Sorry, bro. I wasn't locked in.
I'm waiting till I see a little spike.
Oh, bro, gonna get poked?
No. I'm not going to. Just keep hold. All right. Now, Minor, jump up.
You cannot do that.
Oh.
Wait, no, he can't push that. Wait, I need to go on top. Okay. Oh.
Wait, there's no.
Ooh.
Oh yeah, no. Never mind. Oh yeah, there's no spike anymore.
Yeah, there's no spike.
Okay.
Okay, let's not miss this jump.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. How is the other person gonna get over?
Oh.
Oh, do we need to push the block over?
Sigma.
Uh-oh.
Just get everyone over first.
Yeah, we'll figure it out.
Wait,
Bro, you can't.
I know what to do.
Oh, you gotta push that green block. I see.
Oh.
Yeah, we kind of sold.
No, we didn't. Hold on.
Yeah.
Nico, push it.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Okay, push it down, push it down.
Wait, now how do I get up?
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, there's a bunch of loopholes.
Well,
Yeah.
Now we know what to do.
Lock in.
Everyone push.
And done.
Red spike.
Okay.
Fredford.
Shady time.
All right, push it down.
Shady time.
Okay, now we all push.
Now we push that one a little bit.
Push it more.
Ooh.
That is what I was trying to say, man.
All right, it's good.
that's good.
There we go.
Oh, okay.
Make the jump.
No one fall.
Make the jump.
Now we got one block. Wait, don't push it yet.
Yeah, there's gonna be a spike.
Oh,
Oh, I see it.
Oh my gosh.
we need somebody above.
Yeah.
Can we not jump it?
Zoe, get close.
Okay.
What do you mean above?
Never mind.
Oh, I don't know if we can push this one.
Is that good?
Yeah, just jump over it.
Wait, we need it.
We need it down there.
We need it later.
Huh.
Oh, we do. Baby, are you down? Oh, it's push on the top. Just push over it, right?
Yeah, we couldn't do that on this one.
Ooh.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Holy smokes.
Whoa, Zoe, chill.
Whoa, I don't like being here. I want to switch spots.
Oh, wait. Maybe we just like run into it like a little. Don't get off me! Just like nudge it.
I'm trying to think.
Dude.
That's risky.
That is so risky. Oh my goodness.
I'm scared.
I don't know if I can keep doing it, bro.
You are watching a master at work.
I don't know if I can keep doing this.
Oh.
Bro.
How in the world did we get that?
How we do that? How you do it?
I'm just surprised Shady pushed it that far.
How we do it? How you do it?
I'm a savage, classy, bougie, and ratchet.
Oh.
Minor, you're not supposed to push down there.
If we stack and then the last person jumps. Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, it's possible.
Well, we need to get the key.
If the block had just nudged a little bit, then we could do it.
How do you get the key?
I will nudge it.
You are watching a master at work. We definitely need to get the key somehow.
Yeah.
Oh, look, there's more space over here. Let's just go check it out.
Is there more space over there?
Let's go check it out before we make assumptions.
Wait, how do I jump it?
Okay, wait.
I'm gonna walk into a spike, bro.
Everyone walk towards me so that
Come to the edge so I can see as much as possible.
cash coat.
Okay.
Watch there just be like a little block over here.
Yeah, there's so much room over there. Should we just all YOLO?
You know what? Just everybody just jump down. What are we gonna do?
All right, I'll go last.
Yeah, YOLO.
Oh, I got the key now.
Cash, what you doing?
Martin.
Come down now. Cash, what you doing? Come down now.
Oh.
Oh, see? There we go.
There's a button.
Oh, it dropped a block.
See what I tell you. You have to keep looking.
Wow, that was easy.
That was genius.
If we just listened, we would have gotten that easy.
Well, we did listen.
We did the first world.
Yay!
Yay.
Now it's time for world 2.
Hard park.
Hard Park.
Oh, no.
Hard park.
Zoe's gonna die in 3, 2, 1.
I'm alive.
Oh, she actually survived.
Okay.
What in the Sigma, Martin?
I think we need to stack on each other's heads and push it.
But we're going to die, man.
Oh, wait, never mind.
I think we need to be in a corner.
Oh, I think we're good.
Nico, it's gonna leave you. Make sure you're here, okay? Let's go.
Be a flat stack.
Let's go. Yo, walk with it.
You gotta walk with it.
Walk with it.
Okay, so we can't stand on each other's heads. Know that.
Okay, Boj.
Jump time.
Keep that in mind.
Jump time.
Keep it in mind.
Jump time.
Yo, jump down there.
Okay, the sheep need to go on the inside.
Who is pushing me?
Whoa! I couldn't move, man. I could not move, man.
The people in the middle also need to move. I was being blocked.
Yeah, I know. That's what happened to me. Zoe just trapped me.
I was moving.
Zoe, move.
Go back.
Go back the other way.
Right.
Back again. Jump.
Jump.
Zoe.
Zoe.
Oh.
Zoe, jump.
Zoe.
Zoe.
All right, Nico, you do it.
Oh, I see what you mean.
All right. Nobody wanted to let me try it.
Oh, just go over the map?
Okay.
Odie tight.
Try it after. Odie tight, my party.
Oh.
Jump.
Run.
Okay.
Cash is going to slip.
I'm going to slip off the edge, man.
Go.
Go.
Oh, thank goodness.
What they gonna say now?
Yeah, we did it.
We did it!
Let me open the door.
Yo, let him get the key.
Miner is just boot ganging a key, bruh.
Bro!
Junior.
Ah.
Yes.
That was actually quite easy.
Junior meow.
That was easy.
Easy.
Well, the next ones are gonna be even harder.
Oh.
Level 2.
Okay, what do we have now?
Uh-oh.
Oh, what is this?
No, 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 no.
Ooh, a little Atari breakout.
We lost the ball.
Don't let the balls fly.
We lost them. Oh, we're tiny now.
We're so fast.
Yo, this is not good.
Martin.
Yeah, we gotta restart. We gotta just get rid of the ball. Just get rid of the ball.
Uh-oh.
Well, let's just leave, gang.
Oh.
All right, everyone, do not lose the balls.
I'm keeping my block here. Do not lose it. Oh, we lost one already.
Oh,
Or 2.
Remember, get it in those little crevices.
I'm trying.
We should make a line at the bottom.
And we all move left and right.
Yeah.
Okay.
It would work.
Left, left.
Oh!
Left, right.
Oh, you just barely saved that one.
Left.
Oh! Oh! It's okay. We still have one more.
Oh, D got started!
Hey, Skibbity.
Okay, we have one more.
Oh.
Press it.
This one will clutch up for the gang.
We too small.
Oh!
Oh! Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, no!
No clutch ball. We got the. Don't lose the clutch ball.
Why are we not spread out?
Clutch balls.
Don't lose.
Clutchy Sigma balls.
Don't lose the clutch ball.
I'm scared. I'm scared.
It's hard to keep track of it.
Come on, get up there.
Get out there.
Yes, yes. This is what we like.
Oh, yes, yes, yes.
No.
This is what we like to see.
This may just be what I need.
Oh, no. It's on its way down.
Yo, get me up there, get me up there, get me up there.
Stop that thing. Yo, let him get up.
Yo, let him get up.
Get it, get it, get it, get it.
Oh, clutch ball. Oh, yes.
Oh, clutch ball.
You ain't nothing but a broke fiend. Yo!
Martin.
Fartin.
Martin.
Farting.
Fartin.
Fartin. Fartin. Oh!
Oh, we bouncing it down. Guys. Oh, Zoe.
Fartin. Oh! Fartin. Fartin.
We got it. It's safe. It's safe.
Fartin.
Okay, it's safe. We good.
Okay.
Oh, no.
We gotta do one ball at a time. Don't activate all of them.
I had a jump pad.
Yo. Y'all did not listen to Cap.
We're holding it.
You ain't nothing but a Sigma ball.
Yo, we used all the balls.
Oh!
I can't keep track of this many balls. Oh, no.
Got any balls?
Hold that one, Mia. Hold that one.
Got any balls?
Dude, Mia can't save that one.
Yeah, I didn't know what to do with that one.
You can't save it.
Wait, we kind of cooking with these two.
Oh, yeah.
These two. Oh.
We're tiny.
Oh, now we're tiny.
We'll go.
Oh.
No.
Oh.
Okay.
All right.
We locking for the gang.
Nico, you're off the bench.
Knock in.
Get in there.
Oh, guys. I don't know.
Get in there.
Clutch ball.
How is it still
Please.
not going through the gap?
Oh, yeah, no, that's good. Oh. Oh.
Okay, you cover that side. I'll cover this side.
Oh, yeah, we like that.
I'll cover the other side of the door. You got that side, right? Oh yeah. Yes.
We like that.
Nice.
Fiend.
Oh, we like that.
Fiend.
No way, it doesn't hit a single one.
Come on, Fiend.
Go on, Fiend. Oh.
Ooh, saved it.
Fiend.
Fiend. Okay, Fiend.
Oh, yeah.
No.
Dude. Oh, Fiend.
Fiend.
Oh, Fiend. No.
Come on.
Watch this. Skill play. Oh!
Oh, yeah. Let's go.
Sigma ball.
Yeah.
Yo, we didn't have to do anything. We chilling.
Yo, we could.
Okay. Yeah, I like that. Level 3. What is this?
No.
Oh, it's one of these.
Oh no. It's a jumpy thingy.
Oh, wait.
Okay, we gotta let it through. Everyone jump over it.
Uh-oh.
Oh, gosh.
Oh, Zoya.
Zoe, you go first.
Okay.
We need to give each other space.
Let me go first.
Let Mia go next, and then the minor.
Ooh, Sigma.
I got it.
All right, this is good.
Sigma toasty.
Come on, Mia. We got. Oh, yeah.
Sigma Bouja for minor.
Yo, it's hard, okay? It's okay, Mia.
Hit it.
No, I hit it.
Why don't we just make a tower so only the bottom person has to jump over?
But that's hard.
Because you can't jump if you're at the bottom of a tower.
Okay, I got an idea. Let's just make... Oh, wait. Go.
Oh, my fault.
Aw.
Okay, let's make stairs. Let's try to make stairs.
Yeah.
And Mia, Zoe go to the top.
Oh, true that.
Okay, flip the stairs around.
How do we...
Come get on my head.
Oh, flip the stairs around? Okay.
Okay, wait.
Okay, but how do we do that? We'll jump.
Me and Zoe need to be on the top.
Okay.
Cash on the bottom. Nico third.
Mia needs to get up.
Nico third.
Zoe.
Cash, you need to move.
Zoe, I'm ahead.
Wait, I'm confused.
Okay, Cash, get on my head first, and then Nico,
Nico third.
and then Minor,
Roll.
and then Cash walk the other way.
Mia's just getting hit.
There we go. Okay.
Yes.
And then now let's spread out evenly and hang over the ball.
Okay.
Dangle over the balls, okay?
Okay. Jump.
Go.
Jump. Oh, yeah, no, that's genius. That's genius.
Jump.
Oh, guys.
Is this the dagger?
Yeah. Aw.
Wow.
Now it's swiggly.
Bro, it's jumping.
Oh, wait, no, that's a strat, though.
Stack again.
No, it fixed itself.
Wait, we got it though. We got it.
It's fixed.
Move. I can't jump.
Bro, it's fixed now.
Wait, it's fixed.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
We have to do it perfectly every time. I think we just need to jump in a row. I'll be the last one.
I'm a jump.
Why is it fixed, bro?
All right, let Zoe and Mia go first.
Okay, I'll just be a stepping stool. I'll just be a stepping stool in the beginning, and I'll run.
Wait, okay.
Oh, true that.
Yo, that's kind of nice.
I needed a stool.
We need the stepping stool.
Okay. Ready? Okay, I think me and Zoe got to get a little closer so they have more room.
Minor, you gotta use the stool.
Yo, Minor.
I thought mine was gonna jump. Okay, ready? We'll start right here.
Ready?
I don't need a stool at the end.
I need a stool.
Go, Nico, go.
Give me the stool.
Jump over it.
Okay. Uh-oh.
Aw.
The stool is not stooling.
Give me a break.
Yo, the stool's working hard, okay?
I know, the stool is a difficult job right there.
I need a break! I'm new!
Dude, is that jumping twice?
Ah.
I'm new, bro. I'm new.
Dude, Nico.
I had to use you.
But I don't think we can hit the ball after.
Okay, back up.
Ready, Mia?
All right, bro, go again.
Go again.
Go! Jump! Zoe!
It fixed.
It fixed it.
Just stay in your spot after you jump off the ball.
Dude, this is level 1.
Spread back out.
We gotta go back because if we hit the ball again, it's gonna kill us.
So you're pushing me too much.
I'm sorry, we can't hit the ball again.
The ball movement changes. It changes.
Go!
Oh, how do I jump over that?
Oh! Press it, bloody! Press it!
No! Wait, no, you can just walk under that one.
No. Can you?
Or you can jump over it.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know.
Yo, I need my stepping stool.
I think we need Zoe, Mia, and the Minor on the top of the staircase.
Yeah.
What if we have 3 stools?
We should try that strat.
Okay, fine.
Me and Shady will be at the bottom.
But that means they'd be we'd be the last to get to the other side of the ball if we're gonna keep doing a staircase. So either me or you has to be on the top and the bottom.
All right, I'll be at the bottom for this one, and then Shady needs to be the last one to jump. So everyone stack.
I will be the first one to jump.
All right.
Okay.
And then you guys all get on my head.
I'll move it back.
Okay, let's not do this one.
All right. Let me get all the way to the front. Wait.
Okay, next one.
Jump.
Wait.
Uh-oh.
It's okay. Just jump over that, Shady.
Okay, that's fine. Jump over that one and then we'll pretend.
All right, everyone jump over.
Okay, well, that's kind of... Okay.
Sigmas.
Nico!
Oh, okay.
Like that's why I say the staircase is too hard because it takes us like so long to get in a staircase.
Let's just do 3 stools. Let's do 3 stools.
What would 3 stools do?
Is it not helping?
We just gotta hit our jumps, bro.
Yeah, that's it.
It ain't even that serious, bro. It's just hitting jumps.
I'm sorry, man.
That's all it is. I seriously think the method that we had going was probably the best.
3 step stools?
No, 2 step stools.
Yeah, no, I agree.
Or 3. We could do 3. It just depends on one more person.
Who's the best 3 here? Because they will be the step stools.
Zoe, Minor, and Mia?
They need step stools?
No, they would be the step stools. They're the pros.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Zoe's like a professional. Watch this. Send her in a battle. I think either just me, Cash, and Nico should be step stools or just me and Cash.
We could do the 3 step stools, but I need to be in the front.
Okay, I will be in the back. Who is my duo?
For Zoe.
All right.
I will be.
All right, Mia is my duo. Okay, whenever that happens to me, I'll just be the jumper.
Okay, Minor, I'll be with you.
So always go under.
You be a Cash, Zoe.
Cash will be your duo.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
Go.
Yeah.
Minor, already be in my head.
All right.
I'm gonna have trouble with this second one, I'm not gonna lie.
You can just stand on my head.
Okay.
So you're ready.
Okay, wait, just go, Mia. I don't want to do it.
What?
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 What do you mean you don't want to do it?
Dog, what?
Okay, my fault.
If you don't hit it, it's not the end of the world. We all make mistakes. But like we're depending on you.
Okay, I'll try.
Teamwork.
You are the independent variable, bruh.
Okay, Minor, get in my head.
Oh, sorry.
Actually, you be the jumper.
Okay.
And then get on my head too.
Okay, jump. Bro, I'm like...
Nico, jump when it's at the top of its arc.
It's okay.
That one's hard.
Okay, I'll learn how to do that one easy.
It happens.
I just gotta learn.
Go right when it's at the top.
Okay.
I need space, man.
Bro, you guys giving Cash no space.
Guys,
Oh.
more space, please.
You squished.
Yes! We did it! We did it! Watch out!
No. Lock in.
Okay.
We gotta jump. We still gotta jump. Wait, we gotta get the key.
Oh, wait, we got the key.
Wait, we have the key anyways. It doesn't matter.
Oh my god.
Take it to the door. Get us out. Get us out. Get us out. Get us out, bro. Please.
We did it. We were so quiet during that. And we did it. Oh.
All right, on to level 4.
If you want to watch more videos from us, then click one on your screen right now. And also, don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe!
Bye, guys.
Bye.
All right, guys, you can stop with the comments. I'm gonna play it. Don't worry. Today we're playing Schoolboy Runaway, and this is what the game looks like. Everybody says that I should play this, and apparently it's just like Granny. But instead of escaping our grandma, we have to escape our parents.
Oh, you're such a slowpoke.
Who are you talking to? Now, I'm gonna play normal mode, even though I should probably start on easy, but easy is usually 3 attempts. Parents sometimes check the player. Mom sometimes checks multiple rooms. Okay, it seems pretty simple to me. Let's go.
Let's go.
And that's the kid I'm playing as? All right. Wait, oh, is he playing video games? Oh, hey, you're just like me. He's playing a horror game. Or I don't know what that is. Bro, who is calling me? Oh, that's my dad. No, that's not my dad.
Mom, can I go play? My friend
Oh,
is
it's just
here.
my friend. I thought it was my dad. My fault.
Did you finish your homework?
No.
Yes, all done.
Then show me your class
Oh,
journal.
we lying now. Oh, we just lied to our mom.
Wait, what's that? An F? Teacher's note? Misbehaved in class? Was goofing off?
Sorry.
And yet you want to play outside?
Yes.
You should be ashamed! Go study! No going out for
All
you!
right, I'm guessing my parents are extremely strict.
He's grounded today!
Yeah, seems like it.
And watch out! If I see you slicking around, I'll rough you up real good!
Oh, okay, wow. My parents aren't just strict, they actually hit me. Okay. So, do I actually have to study or can I start walking? Is my mom...
I need to find a way to sneak out of the house.
Yeah, true that. How do I sneak out of the house? Am I supposed to find my own way? Or maybe there's something in here for me. Okay. I'm figuring out everything off the bat, but I'm guessing it's just like Granny, so let me grab my backpack. Nope, can't do that. Okay. I don't know when my mom's gonna come in. It said that she listens to sound. Does she listen? Can she hear that? I'm tapping the space bar. I don't think she cares though. Yeah, I'm not really finding anything around here. That's a nice car though. I think that's like a Ford GT. No, I don't know. Rimac Navara. Yeah, there's nothing in here for me to use. Oh wait, I found a Rubik's cube. Oh. Can I solve it? How do I?
Come on! Yeah. Come on! Ah, you clumsy.
Who in the world is talking out there? Is that my dad? All right, I think I should go outside. I'm a little scared because I don't know if she's gonna jump scare me right out the door. Hello? Oh, yo, this is exactly like Granny. All right, I'm out of here. I'm going in here instead. Oh, that's my mom. Never mind. I'm not going in there. I'm gonna go in here instead. Yep. Thank you. Okay, let's lock in. I think I know what to do. I think that's my mom yelling, not even my dad. She just sounds like that. Okay, I got washing powder. It's so dark in here. Is there a light switch or anything? No? That's fine. Toilet, you got anything for me? I don't think so. There's a screw. The grill is screwed on. So I can find a screwdriver to take that off. Was that loud? Sorry. What if I just confront my mom and I talk to her? I could give her some washing powder. Oh, I need a key for that door. That is not good at all. I have no idea when I'm being too loud or not. It said that my mom listens to sounds. Can I just leave?
Darn it, the front door is locked. And Mom probably has the key.
Okay, so how do we get the key from Mom then? I'm gonna walk past the kitchen for a second and I'm gonna go in here. Is that my dad? Wait. Dad, you watching soccer? What you doing in here? Well, I'm just gonna rummage through your...
Stop right there! Gotcha!
Okay, so I can't get caught by my dad either.
20 squats quickly!
20 squats?
1,
2,
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
5, 6, 7.
Oh my God.
8,
9, 6, 7.
10.
Okay.
11.
You want 20 of
12,
these?
19, 20.
Okay, I did 20 squats.
Watch yourself. Behave well from now on.
So am I free to go then? Oh, I'm not. Oh, I'm not. Okay, so that's fine. At least I keep the washing powder though. Look at this. Well, if I just go on my bed, does it look like I'm studying? Oh, maybe that's how I hide. I pretend like I'm actually doing homework. Okay. Well, I kind of would rather play video games, but I guess I could just go back with this washing powder. So maybe I should just go back in there and not be too loud this time. Oh, you don't see a thing.
Just score up! Huh?
Oh my god. Oh my god. I think I made it out.
Wait a second.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Why the heck is the door open?
The door's not open, Dad. Oh god, the laptop battery?
You think your father is stupid?
Uh-oh.
Hey, where did you go?
Nowhere. Nowhere. I am hiding in the dresser. Wow. I am a smart guy. You never thought about that, did you? Am I cooked? I feel like I might be cooked. Oh god. Okay, no, we're good. Okay, my dad's kind of dumb, so that works perfectly for me, actually. Oh no. Oh no. How do I get out of this? Oh, somebody's walking. Huh? Did somebody just walk in the bedroom? Somebody's most definitely in the bedroom. I can't see anything. I'm scared to open this door, though. I think my dad's out there. Hello? Oh, you just turned off the light on me. Well, thanks for that. I appreciate it. Okay, what's this? Oh, it's my parents. Look at them. They're so happy. I don't care. Oh, why did I just see my mom in a bikini? Oh, heck no, bruh. I didn't want to see that. What is it? Oh, it... Really? We're just leaving clothes all over the place. I just got car keys, and my dad's laughing. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I don't think I don't think I was supposed to do that. I just turned on the AC. Did that wake up my dad or anything? Turn off. Okay. Well, I got car keys, but I need to go to the garage somehow. Does my mom have any makeup? Oh, of course it's locked.
Come on, come on, come on, come on!
Can my dad be quiet for a second, please? Okay, yeah, I don't think there's gonna be anything here that I can grab. Oh, a barrette. Yo, hold on a second. Hold on a second. Don't you worry about a thing, Dad. All right, I'll see you later. Can I pick the lock of the front door with this? Please. Yeah. Lock is too complicated. So what can I unlock with this?
Maybe I should try to get out through the kitchen window.
How in the world am I going to do that? My mom's in there washing dishes.
I just need to create a reason for Mom to open it herself.
Ah, smart boy. So how is she going to... Let me see. How can I get her to open the window? What is this?
Well, and...
What if I turn the exhaust hood off?
Stop right there!
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god! Why did I just get slapped?
Grab the broom and get to it! I don't want a single speck of dust left.
Okay. Yeah, fine, Mom. Jeez. You really hate me, huh? I need you to open that kitchen window if you could, because that's where I'm going to escape from. Just letting you know now before I do it. I'm going to run away and never come back again. How much of this do I have to clean, bro? Why is the roof broken up there? I just realized that's probably an escape. Anyways, as I was saying, I'm guessing there's multiple escapes to this actual game, because I'm seeing a lot of different things we could do. Also, don't I have the car keys?
If you mess up again, it will be
Yeah, I get it.
very bad for you.
Okay, if I mess up again, it'll be very bad. So I got the lockpick, I got the car keys, and I got washing powder. I need to somehow turn off the vent hood. That's what he said. Can I turn on the light? Nobody woke up from that, right? Alright, I'm gonna turn off the vent hood. Okay, that didn't work.
Wasn't I told you?
Oh, God. Oh, my God. Okay, I get it. I get it. So if I fail 3 times, I die. Well, now at least I understand. How did I mess up so badly? I should have been more vigilant and cunning. With these skills like these, all I can do is get whipped by my dad. Brother, I did not escape. I just got... Okay. So how in the world am I supposed to turn off the vent hood that it was telling me to before? Can I use my computer? Oh, wait, I could turn on my computer. Oh, this is going to help so much. Okay. Andrew, enter password? What? How do I don't... 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, maybe it's password? I spelled that wrong. Boom. Andrew plus year of birth. Okay, so I need to find my year of birth. That's slight. Okay. How in the world am I going to find out my year of birth? Oh, I don't know.
I would show them how it's done.
I need to figure out how do I turn off the vent hood? What in the... Okay, maybe I turn off like a fuse box or something. Let me just go find that laundry detergent again, because I know I can pick that up. Oh, trash can? Is there anything in there? Nothing in the trash can. Anything in here? What is this? Anti-fat? I don't know what that is.
Why don't you always play like this?
Brother, my dad is yapping. Oh, wait. I just opened the shower. Dude, it's so dark in here. I could barely see. A mop? What would I need that for? I don't need that for nothing.
Ah, oh dear. I'll need a special grease remover here.
Wait, I have anti-fat. Boom. Okay, now you need to wipe. Oh, brother. I need to wipe my booty? What do I wipe with? Paper towels, huh? Okay.
Darn it. The front door is locked. And Mom probably has the key.
I think I'm going to try and make it back into this room real quick.
Come on, come on, come on, come on!
Oh, don't get up right now, Dad. Alright, yeah, you sit down real quick. Alright, you don't know a thing, Dad. You did not hear me. Okay, we have the hair pick. Nothing else on here is useful. Can Can I go outside? Oh my god, my dad freaks me out. We have that safe, so I have to figure out a Rubik's Cube, and I can't see, bro. Why has it got to be so dark in this room? Oh, flashlight. Yo, let me use this. I want it. I want the flashlight.
All right, I have to water the plants.
Oh, my mom's going to water the plants. Okay, so now I can probably turn on that vent hood. Okay, is she going to come in here, though? I'm leaving, Dad. I will see you later. All right, while Mom's out, I'm going in the kitchen.
Maybe I should try to get out through the kitchen window.
Yep. That's exactly what I'm doing. Anything else I can grab in here? Anything else? Quickly before Mom comes home. Quickly before Mom comes home, please. She's going to water the plants. Please, is there anything I can grab, bro?
Come on, come on, come on, come on!
Oh my god, Dad, be quiet. Stop. Stop. Anything? Bro, is there literally nothing in here? Oh my goodness, nothing of use, bro. Oh, I'm cooked. Oh my god, I'm cooked. Fridge. I just ate a sausage. That's not what I wanted to do. I want to grab items while I... Okay, yep, that's cool. I think I just ate part of the watermelon too. Oh no! Thanks. Wow, I appreciate it. Whatever. What do you want me to do?
Grab the broom and get to it.
All right.
I don't want a single speck of dust left.
Yep, I got it. Hey, you should probably worry about the kitchen, Mom. I turned off the vent hood, so you might have a fire going in there. I'm gonna go through the kitchen window soon.
What a lazy bones.
Yeah, she loves calling me a lazy bones. Although, who's the one cleaning here? Because I'm pretty sure it's not you. I'm pretty sure I should grab the car keys before I escape through the window, right? I definitely should. Let's go. Let me go grab those car keys. Dad, you don't see a thing. You do not see a thing. All right. Let me turn on the lights. Hello? Where's his car keys again? Where the car keys at? Where did my dad put them? Are they on this side? Oh, no. They're not here anymore. So they changed spots. Well, that's great to know. So where are they then? Oh, I just lockpicked that thing. What did I get, though? Did I just use that lockpick for no reason? Dude, where are my dad's car keys? I need to find those again. I don't know where he put it. Nope. Not in here either. Cool. Well, I guess we're not escaping with the car. Now, did my mom open the kitchen window? That's what I want to know.
Well, where? Pass it!
I need to make a sound so my dad hears it. Is his car keys on the table there? Nope. He just got a sandwich and some other stuff. All right, Mom, did you open it? Did you open the window? She opened it. She opened it. Escape. Escape. What? Get out. Okay, I can't close the window, but I'm outside. Now, how do I... Barrel? Thanks, Barrel. Oh, wait, there's a ladder. There are not enough steps, so I can't get up the ladder. All right, fine. What about you? Oh. I just heard my dad speak. Oh, is that my puppy? Hi there, puppy. Okay. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh.
I need to get back to my room quickly.
Oh, we gotta go. Oh, we gotta go. Uh-oh, you didn't see nothing, Mom. Oh, I'm cooked. Oh, get me out. Oh, get me out. I'm cooked. There's no... Ah! Well, that didn't work. All right.
Come on, get to it and make sure the floor shines.
Yeah, whatever. I'm escaping the window whenever you're gone, Mom. Apparently on normal mode, I get 3 hints. So maybe I should just use one of them. Oh? Oh, it's pointing me to the direction. Oh, wait, this is... Okay, this honestly makes it too easy. But maybe I can at least learn the game so I can play it on hard mode. Alright, what do you want me to click? Oh, the vase. Uh-huh. What do you want me to do with this? Do I... Oh, you can turn stuff. Okay.
Is that noise coming from bedroom?
No.
I need to check.
I need to get back to my room quickly.
Can I hide in here?
Why the heck is the door open?
No reason, Dad. Don't you worry.
You thought I wouldn't notice. Hey, you little brat. Where did you go?
Yeah, you don't know where I'm at.
Drop what you're doing. Our son is trying to escape again.
Uh-oh.
Decided to play hide and seek?
Yeah? Yeah, I played hide and seek. What you gonna do about it? Are they outside? Are they outside? Do I make a run for it? I'm making a run for it. I'm studying. I'm studying, Mom. What are they doing outside? Should I... Wait, should I go in the kitchen now? What key is this? I have no idea. I was studying, Dad.
Wasn't I told you?
Alright, I'm gonna make sure to close every door behind me this time. And I'm just gonna speedrun this. Goodbye, Dad. So if the car keys aren't in the drawer, they're probably in the vase. I hope they're in the drawer, though. Nope.
Come on, pass!
Alright.
Pass! Come on!
Let me just be very careful here. Is there a key? There is a key. Oh, God. Oh, God, it's gonna spill out. Oh, I'm cooked.
Oops.
Okay.
Is that noise coming from bedroom?
No.
I need to check.
I need to hide somewhere quickly.
Huh? You're going to
Oh
get
my
it
God.
now.
Oh my God. I gotta be more silent. Well, I can't run past him.
Squats. One,
Whatever, I'll do these squats.
1, 7,
17, 18, 19, 20. Got you. All right.
Watch
now let me out.
yourself. Behave well from now on.
All right. Yes, sir. Totally. It's not like you hit me. So, yeah. Okay, now that I have this key, can I exit through the front door? That's my question. Let me go ahead and check it out. I really hope so.
Darn it, the front door is locked.
Aw.
Mom probably has the key.
Okay, well, does this unlock this door? It does. But does that make sound? Oh, God. Oh, I can't see a single thing. Is there a light switch in here?
I can't see a thing.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Is there a flashlight? Wait, there is a flashlight. Actually. How do I... Okay.
Maybe I should try to get out through the kitchen window.
Yeah, I already tried that, though. That's the thing.
I just need to create a reason for Mom to open it herself.
Got you. Yeah, we're gonna turn on that vent hood. Don't you worry, buddy. Let me grab the washing powder. I don't know what the washing powder goes inside of, but maybe it goes in the toilet. Nope. Alright. I tried it. I need my mom to leave again. And also, I definitely need to grab... wait. Where'd it go? No. I could have sworn there was anti-fat. Wasn't there? Oh! I can move that there. What? Okay. Well, I did not know that. Okay, I still gotta figure out my birth date.
I have to go water the plants.
Yep, you go water the plants, Mom. Thank you. Don't you worry. I'm just studying.
Just kick the ball already!
The table!
Uh-oh. 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 Am I cooked?
What was that? Who gave you permission to leave the room, huh?
I did not leave the room! Wow. So
Grab the broom and get to it!
Okay.
I don't want a single speck of dust left.
So the parents notice every little thing I do no matter what. Wow. I have to make sure not to leave anything Okay. Even normal mode is hard. This is crazy. I am kind of scared to play the hard modes of this game.
Lazy bones.
Mom, can you not say that, please? I'm trying my best over here. You hurt my feelings. Alright. Alright. I think I'm done. Right? Yes. Oh, this is tough, bro. Okay. Are you gonna go water the plants, Mom? At least now I know I have to keep everything in order. Okay, you're not leaving there. How do I fix that? That's an issue. Now I know not to move the table. I'm kind of scared to like open and close anything because I feel like I'm gonna leave it on accident. That Rubik's Cube, I have no idea what in the world that you're supposed to be used for. Should I try all of these combinations for that safe? I have no idea. Wait a second. It says 1, 4, 5. What is that?
I'll go check who's writing to me.
What? Who's writing to you, Dad? Where are you going? I hear my dad in the other room. Just over here studying. Don't you worry about a thing. Can I leave? Okay, perfect. So I need to go get those keys again. Oh, there's books here. Should I make a sound so my mom leaves? I can't. I can't move any of this stuff. None of this stuff has anything in it. I'm literally gonna... I'm gonna make some sound. Okay. I'm making noise. I'm making noise. You guys hear me? No? I guess they don't hear me. Wait, this is me. Oh. Oh, okay. So I was born July 19th, 2010. Easy. All right, July 19th, 2010.
Forward! Come on, come on, come on!
Let me put that on my password then. Andrew, July 19th, 2010. Okay. Year of birth. Oh, wait. Andrew, 2010. Let me in. What? Andrew plus 2010. Is that it? What? Oh, my goodness. Am I Andrew plus year of birth. 2010 Andrew. Maybe it's that. Oh, my goodness. You are messing with me right now. Is there anything else on here? It says 2010. What is that? 8? I don't read Russian. 8 years old. 2010. Oh, wait, hold on. Okay, so I was 8 years old in the photo, and that was in 2010, which means 2002. Andrew, 2002. Aha! Okay, hold on. I'm goated. Basket, I don't need you. Browser.
Well, and
we got a YouTube channel on here. Oh, it just took me to the actual YouTube channel. Hold on. Music. Drum and bass.
What the heck has happened there?
Oops.
well, come on!
Nothing. Oh, God. She's going to see that my computer's on.
I hope I don't get caught. I hope I don't get caught.
Oh, I should have turned the computer off.
Aha! Sitting at the computer!
Ah!
Pretending to do your homework.
Yeah.
Forward! Come on, come on!
Thanks.
How many times do I have
Shut
to
up, Dad. I don't want to talk to you. You're the one that's just screaming all the time, making this hard. Oh, this is the most annoying
No
game
way.
ever.
Me doing homework. Me and studying just don't go together.
And this kid's a yapper too. I ain't gonna lie. I'm sorry. That was kind of mean. Just let me go into the computer. Yep. Thanks. All right, Andrew, 2002. Let's not play any sound effects anymore. Let's check our mail. Dad, send a fake message. Mom. Oh, wait, hold on. What did I send to Igor? Hello, post your math homework. Hi, I didn't do it myself. Let's go for a walk. Go. Applications for participation in the contest are accepted. Wait, what? Don't miss the opportunity to showcase your talents. Am I asking Vika to go on a walk and she's ignoring me? Hi, who are you? Andrew from 5A. Got it. How's it going? What are you doing? Come out for a walk. Ignore? Yo, this kid... Okay, this kid needs to learn to take a hint. Let's send my dad a fake message. Hi, baby. Wait, what? Why did I send that to my dad?
Oops. Someone wrote.
Uh-oh.
I should check.
Is he gonna know that it was me? Can I type? Hi. Nope, I cannot. All right, let's turn that off. Nobody saw a thing. Oh. I have a hint. I guess I pressed H on accident during that. Dad, I don't know what you're reading there. I don't know if you're cheating on my mom or what the situation is here, but I got something up here. What is that?
Wait a minute.
Oh, God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. No. Oh. Okay. That was close. That was close. I'm just studying, Mom. Don't you worry about a thing. Wait. Oh, she's going outside. Am I cooked?
Why don't you always play like this?
I don't know if I'm cooked or not. I don't know if I'm cooked or not. I'm turning off the vent hood.
I need to create a smoke screen.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Okay, I created a smoke screen in there. Mom, I'm studying. Don't you worry.
How do you strike? What an idiot.
Don't you worry about a thing, Mom.
Keep studying. I'm just checking.
Okay. Yep, just studying. Wow, this is very interesting. All right, she's gone.
Come on, come on! Yes, yes, yes! Come on, come on! Ah, you clumsy.
It wasn't me, Mom.
What did I tell you? Do your homework.
What? Hey! Brother!
Come on,
Oh
get
my
to it
God.
and make sure the floor shines.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Move your feet. Move your feet, Mom. God, you are abusive. What in the world is wrong with you? This mom makes me very angry. I gotta figure out what to do. I just pressed H again. Mom, you don't know about a thing. Dad, you don't know about a thing either. All right, cool. Okay. Why does it want me? Wait, it wants me to go outside? What's out there?
How much longer?
Oh, Martin. Okay, so did my mom open her window or not? And did my dad leave his car keys anywhere? Should I take the car keys? What do we think? What do we think? I'm gonna take the car keys. I'm gonna try it out. Come on, just come out. Oh God, oh God.
Is that noise coming from bedroom?
Oh God, oh God, oh God.
I need to get back to my room quickly.
Oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God.
Come here.
What? No, how did you see me?
220 squats
Okay.
quickly.
Yeah, whatever. I got your
1,
car
2.
keys. Okay, so now I got the key, but I'm not really sure what that was even for. Did my mom open her vent hood, yes or no? Did you open your vent hood, Mom? Is the window open? It is. Uh-huh. I'm gonna just make a little exit then. You don't see a thing. Okay, I'm going to click the yellow square. Nobody sees me, right? Oh, a step. That's for the ladder, is it not? Okay, well, let me be very careful here. I can't let them notice me. Oh, my dad's so gonna notice me if I go around that side. For some reason, the parents can literally see every little thing you do in this game. I gotta pray my mom's not looking. Yep, she's not looking. She's not looking at a thing. All right, perfect. So I'm guessing we put this step on the ladder. The step doesn't fit here. Oh, I need another step. What if I press H? Oh, is it leading me inside? I don't know if I want to go back inside, gang. Wait, what's this? Okay, yeah, it's literally... skibidi. Is it in the corner of the bedroom? Is that where you want me to go, game? What if I go around to the front of the house? I know my dog might bark, but I think I can get away from him. Also, why is there just a random rock? Oh, flashlight. Give me this. Give me that. Wait, wait. Oh, a battery. Give me those batteries. Okay. Now, what do I actually use the battery for? I have no idea. Okay. Don't you worry about a thing, little doggy. Don't you worry about a thing. Oh, I just turned on the water. All right. I'm clicking random stuff at this point, guys. I'm sorry.
Darn it, the front door is locked. And Mom probably has the key.
Yep, she definitely does. If Mom has the key, Oh, no. Oh, God, oh, God. My mom's going to water the plants. I hear my parents talking. I think they're getting suspicious. Oh, this is bad news, bears. Oh, get me back in. You don't know anything, Mom. You don't know anything. No, not me, not me.
Oh, you
no,
little
no,
cockroach.
no, 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 no.
Come here! Our son has disappeared! Knock, knock.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Come here.
Oh my God, no, my dad saw me. How'd you see me? Oh, I cannot outrun him, can I? Oh, I'm cooked. I'm cooked. I'm cooked. You don't know what thing. You don't know what thing. Can I use a key on anything? Oh my God. Oh my God. You slowpoke. You slow.
Gotcha.
There's no point in running. Guys, this game is so impossible. All right. Let's do this. We got to be very quick here. Give me the key.
Oops.
Uh-oh.
Is that noise coming from bedroom?
Nope.
I need to check.
You don't know what thing. You don't know what thing. You don't know what thing. You don't know what thing.
Stop, you rascal!
Oh my God. How did you see me?
Gotcha.
Bro. Am I buns?
Come on. Run 3 laps around the house.
Oh, well, this is new. You want me to run 3 laps around the house? Okay, well, at least it's teaching me the outside a little bit.
I hate running.
Yeah, I know you hate running. But you're schoolboy runaway, so you kind of have to. Alright, while I get these 3 laps done, I can study what I need. Am I seeing anything?
Come on, faster!
Yeah, alright, Dad, alright. I'm going faster. Ugh, I need to get those car keys again. I don't know how I got it the first time. Oh, wait a second. What's in there? There's a plank in the barrel. Oh, that's probably for the ladder. All right.
Last lap.
Yep, I'm going. Thanks, Dad. Can't believe I have to do this. This is crazy. The mom's tasks are so much easier, and my friends are playing out there.
Good job. Now go study quickly.
Yep, I'm doing it. Thanks, Dad. You are the worst. All right. So I have a key. I have a barrette. Not really sure what the barrette is for, but maybe I should go use it on my mom's drawer. I'm definitely going to close that. All right.
Now to strike.
Use it on this.
Idiots.
Boom. Is there anything in here for me? No. So why can I open you? And why can I open you? Boy, that does not make any sense. All right, I'm leaving. Goodbye. See you later, Dad. Should I go back on my computer for a bit? Maybe I can find something that I actually need. I'm not really sure. All right, let's see. Andrew 2002. Do I want to click that? Or maybe I want to send a fake message to my dad? I'll send him a fake message. All right. Now we turn this off. Okay.
I'll go check who's writing to me.
Okay, where is he going now? I hear him walking.
Who turned on the light?
Aww.
Well,
You have got to be kidding me. Brother! I'm cooked.
drop what you're doing. Our son is trying to escape
Wait
again.
a minute.
You guys are the
Grab
worst.
the broom and get to it. I don't want a single speck of dust left.
Guys, I've got to be so dumb or I'm just missing something. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like I'm just stupid. Like, how am I not figuring this out? They catch everything.
Get to your books.
Alright, thanks, Mom. So I left the light on. I gotta make sure not to do that anymore. Got it. Did you leave the window open by any chance?
Maybe I should try to get out through the kitchen window.
Mm-hmm.
I just need to create a reason for Mom to open it herself.
Just gonna take these batteries out. Alright. Thank you, Mom. I will see you later. Let's open this door.
I can't see a thing.
Yeah, I just got a dirty rag. Although some things in here are too dark to grab, apparently. I'm just clicking everywhere. Please, is there anything? Nope, it just says two. Okay, hold on. I have a dirty rag to clean that off now. So I just need to get, oh God.
I'll go check who's writing.
Did I leave my door open? Oh God. I might have left the door open, I'm not gonna lie.
I have to go water the plants.
Yep, you go water the plants, Mom. Don't you worry about me. Little old me won't be doing anything, okay? You just have fun watering those plants. Okay. Let's go. Oh. Oh, how did she not just see me?
What if I turn the exhaust hood off?
Yep, that's what I'm doing.
I need to create a smoke screen.
Okay, I shouldn't get greedy. I'm just gonna go back in my room. And then maybe I will hide in here while my mom catches me. She will not know anything. Okay, I think my mom might be coming back now. Uh-oh, yep, she's back. Is she gonna notice?
Wait a second.
Oh my God, she's noticing.
Who turned my exhaust hood off?
Oh no, oh no.
Oh, you scoundrel! Where did you go?
Nowhere, Mom, nowhere.
Get up! Our son decided to run away!
Oh God. Is my dad helping her? What do I do? Are they gonna give up if I just wait in here forever?
Knock, knock! Who's there in the cabinet?
Not me. Am I cooked if I just wait in here for too long? Oh, I'm so
Oh,
cooked.
damn! So much smoke!
Yes. Yes, die. Sorry. Maybe don't die. Is my dad paying attention to video games now? Or soccer? Are they still looking? Can I leave? Wait, they just went back. My mom just went back to cooking. Oh, you are so dumb. I will see you later, Mom. Nice try. Okay. I'm pretty sure I saw a little planky in here, right? Can I get up? I cannot get up. I gotta find another way. What if I press the hint button? Oh, it's leading me over there? No, Martin, no. I can't mess with anything on here. Alright, whatever. I need the car keys, bro. And you know what? I need to turn on this hose, too. Alright, let's turn it on. Boom. Y'all will never notice a thing. Goodbye. Now, Mom, you won't see me at all, right? Right? Okay, good. Is there a plank here anymore? There's not. Bro, that's so annoying. My dad's literally gonna see me right there. Alright, I gotta be careful.
Oops. Someone wrote. I should
Okay, someone wrote to my dad. Does that mean I can go in here again? I hope so. All right. I just need the washing powder. Where's that anti-rust thing or whatever? It was behind the shower, right? No, a mop. Wait, can I do something with the mop? There's a screw. Give me that screw. Oh, I need a screwdriver for that, actually. Okay, and then I can disassemble the mop. Sounds good. There it is. Yes, this is what I need. The anti-fat. So I gotta put this on here. And then the rag is too dirty. Really, the rag. Alright. I'm gonna try and toss it in the machine with washing powder. I might be cooked, though, if I try this. Oh, God. That's gonna make a lot of sound, isn't it? Oh, it definitely is. I'm hiding in the cabinet. That washing machine's finna beep. I'm gonna be cooked.
This is the third time already.
Oh my gosh. All right, guys. Well, unfortunately, this game is too complicated for my simple mind, so I'm not able to beat it right now. But if this video does well and you guys really enjoyed it, I will spend hours trying to beat the game, and maybe I'll even go to challenge mode. But I'm gonna need to learn a lot of stuff first. I'm not gonna lie. Either way, I'm sorry for being stupid, guys. If you want to subscribe, we're almost at 1 mil. We can do it, guys. And also, don't forget to leave a like. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Peace.